Ew.
Man, guys, I love eating popsicles.
Oh yeah, dude, it's the best way to cool off.
Orange is my favorite. Cody, calm down. You can get a brain freeze. All right, everyone try to get a brain freeze. Bite your popsicles. Jeffy, what happened?
Dude, he bit his tongue. You didn't have to bite that hard.
What, baby, what are you doing?
I'm taking feed pics, Marvin.
Why?
So I can sell them online because you won't get a job.
Baby, no. You gotta take better angles than that.
What?
Because those won't sell.
Marvin!
Hey man, I did not done.
What?
I did not done.
Jeffy, I can't understand you.
I did not done. I did not done.
Put your tongue back in your mouth so I can hear you.
Not that. I did not done.
Baby, I can't understand what Jeffy's saying.
Well, maybe he has a speech impediment.
He has a brain impediment.
Marvin!
It's true. I can't understand what you're saying, Jeffy.
Marvin, maybe if you speak like him, you'll understand what he's saying better.
Oh, I'll speak like Jeffy.
Marvin!
Ow! Well, look, he's an idiot. Okay, you know, his tongue just fell out of his mouth.
Oh no, I'm calling the doctor.
Call the doctor. Baby, did you call the doctor?
I did. He said he was on his way.
What? That was like 30 minutes ago. I'm gonna call and check on him.
Hello? Damn, baby!
What?
What, hey, Marvin, is that you?
Yeah, you said damn baby?
Oh, yeah, well, I'm in traffic right now, and there's a lady whose baby's not in a car seat, so I was like, damn, baby, you should be in a car seat.
Is that music I hear?
Yeah, because I'm in my car, listening to music like everybody does, duh.
Are you at a strip club?
No, Marvin, I told you, I'm in traffic. It's gonna take a while, because, things were crazy at the hospital. There was, like, this woman with her ankles behind her head. How's she doing that? She needs a spanking is what she needs.
Wait, what?
Yeah, like I said, Marvin, I'm in traffic.
Okay, well, my son's tongue fell out of his mouth.
My tongue's about to fall out of my mouth. Oh, ooga!
What was that?
That was a car, an old car honking at me, like a wooga. And it's also the noise they make in cartoons when you see a hot lady and your eyes pop out of your head.
I think my son had a stroke.
I'm about to stroke something. Yeah, in traffic, because I'm so bored, I got nothing else to do. I might as well just, rub one out.
Oh, wait, listen, I really need your help. Are you coming or not?
I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, damn, I am coming.
Then please hurry.
He's still there, Marvin.
Yeah?
I'll be on my way. Keep the change.
I think he's on his way. That must be him. Hello?
Hey, Marvin, do you have like a wet napkin or a towel, or can I just straight up take a shower?
Why?
Well, you see, I was in traffic, and I had my window rolled down, just listening to music, minding my own business, and then somebody threw a cigarette in my car, so that's why I smell like a strip club. And then, yeah, you can smell that. And then, because I had my window rolled down, somebody ran by and they stole my wallet, and they took like $500 out of there, plus bottle service, and then they gave me my wallet back, but I still lost a lot of money. And then I was just so bored, sitting in traffic doing nothing, so I decided to do a crafts project, and I had like a hole in my pants, so I decided to try to glue that closed, from the inside. So then, yeah, my pants got all sticky and my legs got sticky, so, can I take a shower?
Yeah, just make it quick.
Hey, baby, he said yes!
Baby?
Yeah, my time doesn't start yet, okay?
Wait, who's that?
Oh, this is a nasty bit. This is, Nurse Baby. Yeah, she spells it B-E-B-E, like Bebe, but I just call her Baby. She's not wearing her nurse outfit, or really any clothes for that matter, because a patient threw up on him. That's why we need to take a shower so bad.
Is that a stripper?
Marvin! Come on, Marvin! No, she is not a stripper. She is a nurse. She's a nurse, and she just got done with a very long 12-hour shift helping very sick kids, just scrubbing puke on her hands and knees, and you call her a stripper. Marvin, apologize to Baby.
I'm sorry, baby.
Yeah, that's right, baby. So, we're gonna need to use your shower and then also probably your bed to dry off.
Why don't you just go somewhere else?
Well, my wife would never allow me to bring her home, and this is cheaper than a hotel because it's free. So can I take your shower?
Okay, hurry up!
All right, thanks, come on.
Jeffy, ask me a yes or no question. Pick a color.
Boo.
What?
Boo.
What?
Boo.
What?
Boo.
Oh, Jeffy, shut up.
Marvin, where's the doctor?
He's taking a shower.
What? Why?
He said he got dirty in traffic. I don't know.
Hey, guys.
Why are you naked?
We were born this way, okay? It's how we're supposed to be. Oh, Marvin, I should probably let you know I pulled the triple S in your bathroom.
A triple S?
Yeah, shit, shower, shave, except I did it all in the shower.
What?
I know, but the toilet was too far away, so I just had to drop anchor right there in the shower. Like, a lot of anchors. I shit like a rabbit, Marvin. Don't worry, I tried to clean it up. I took the plunger and tried to shove it down the drain, but I just made it get worse, and it just ended up looking like a big stringy Play-Doh mess, like trying to shove ground beef down a garbage disposal.
That's sick!
Yeah, I know, I'm sorry, Marvin, okay, but that's not important. What's important is that I have a question, okay? I don't really know this girl very well.
Wait, what girl?
There's a girl in there.
Yeah, it's a nurse that he works with.
Marvin, come on, that was obviously a lie. She's clearly a hooker.
A hooker?
Yeah, Marvin, don't pretend I'm not a habitual liar. Obviously, she's a hooker. Let's get past that. What I need to know is, should I wear protection or not?
You could ask my fortune teller.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, pick a color.
Red.
R-E-D. Pick a number.
2.
1, 2. Pick another number.
3.
All right, let's see. Only time will tell.
Oh, cool. That's real fucking helpful. Thank you for that. Yeah, I guess time will tell in 9 months when it's too late.
Listen, can you just help with my son while you're right here?
Yeah, sure, I'll do it later.
What? Do it later. Do it right now.
No, I'll do it after I'm done.
Jeffy, go to your room until he's ready.
Bedhead.
Guys, I do have another really big favor to ask.
What do you want?
I need some money.
What? For what?
Well, I think my time with her is up, and she did see me shit in the shower and try to shove it down the drain with a plunger, so now she wants more money to stay.
Well, I think I have a 20 in the car.
Get that, please.
Okay.
Marvin, money?
I might have a 10 in my wallet.
That's not gonna be enough, buddy. She saw me shit in the shower.
Well, I don't know.
Like a rabbit.
I have an ATM card that I can go get money out of.
Yeah, that's more like it. The longer we sit here talking about it, the more money she's gonna need.
Okay.
Here's a 20.
Thank you.
And here's a 50.
50? That's all you could do?
Yeah, that's all I could do.
70's kind of a weird number for seeing somebody shit in the shower, but I can make it work. I can make it work.
Okay, guys, now that we're done eating our popsicles and you're done choking on yours, what do you want to do?
We should play hide and seek. Oh yeah, dude, that sounds fun as hell.
Okay, I'll count first.
Oh, we're just playing hide and seek. Yeah, sure, you can play. Junior's counting.
Wait, you can understand him?
Yeah, he's speaking in tongues. I speak tongue. Around a butthole, hey-oh!
Okay, I'm gonna count.
Okay.
1, 2.
Wait, you're not that doctor. Do you have my money? Ah! Who are you?
I'm the Green Scooby-Doo Killer, and I'm gonna kill ya!
Oh my god, he's killing me!
Ha! She's dead! Out the window I go! Ha!
Hey, baby, I got the money, so you know what that means. Fist in my ass. Jeffy, did you kill my hooker? It has to have been you. You're the only one here. Come on, you're under arrest.
Order, 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 order! I am the Honorable Judge Boober, and today we will be hearing the case of Jeffy, who is being accused of murdering a hooker. Bailiff, tell me what happened.
Well, Your Honor, I had just gotten done shitting in the shower, and I told the hooker to go wait for me in the bedroom because I needed to ask Marvin for some money because I had to pay the hooker, you know, for obvious reasons. And then when I got into the bedroom, I saw Jeffy standing there right next to the dead hooker.
Oh dear. How much was she charging you?
$100 an hour.
Not bad. For everything?
Yeah, she was a nasty bitch, Your Honor.
Jeffy, how could you? Did you really murder that hooker? Explain yourself! I'm sorry, what? I can't understand you. Can you say that again? Mr. Jeffy, if the next sound out of your mouth is not an understandable sentence, I will find you guilty of murder! That is it! Mr. Jeffy, I find you guilty of murdering a hooker, and I sentence you to life in prison!
She was a good woman. Come on, you monster! Get in there, you murderer! I hope your cellmate does to you what that hooker was gonna do to me. Shove his fist in your ass.
Jeffy, how could you do this to our family? Officer, there's just no way that Jeffy murdered that hooker. There's no way.
Marvin, you're just gonna have to accept that your son's a murderer.
Jeffy, why would you do this? What are you trying to say?
Listen, Marvin, I don't have time for this. I got another inmate I gotta bring in.
Jeffy, if you could just try your hardest to try to explain who did it. Just say it. Just try to say it with the best way you can. You're not even trying.
Alright, Jeffy, it looks like your cellmate's gonna be this guy in a green Scooby-Doo costume.
We can't understand you, Jeffy. Just stop trying to talk.
That's the guy who killed the hooker in the green Scooby-Doo costume!
Yeah, it was me.
Wait, Jeffy, how can you talk? How?
Well, because I had this big piece of Play-Doh in my mouth the whole time pretending it was my tongue.
Wait, so this is the guy who killed the hooker?
Yeah, in the green Scooby-Doo costume!
Why didn't you take out the Play-Doh earlier?
Because I'm a fuck.
And why didn't you speak up in court?
Because I'm a shithead.
So you wasted everyone's time?
Yep.
I'm gonna beat your ass.
Right! Right, guard! Help!
Somebody owes me $70 and a fist in my ass.
astronauts been back to the moon?
What?
Astronauts have been to the moon, right? Why haven't they gone back?
I think because it's too expensive to go back.
How much does it cost?
Billions of dollars?
Well, I found a way to do it for $2.
$2 how?
Yeah, check it out. This.
What is that?
Paper towel roll. You can slide down it. Or it can be an elevator.
Oh, that's a really good idea, Jeffy.
An elevator to the moon would never work, Jeffy.
Yes, it would.
Well, no, it would not, because the moon moves.
Well, so does the Earth.
Oh, he has a point, Marvin.
But the Earth and the moon, they don't move at the same... Listen, it would never work because if you kept the moon in one spot, it would be dark there forever.
That's not true. I've seen the moon outside during the daytime.
You know, I've always wondered about that.
Well, listen, it would never work because this stupid thing would cost trillions and trillions of dollars if it ever did work.
Yeah, but then you can go to the moon whenever you want to. You can put a Walmart up in that bitch. Or a Chuck E. Cheese. Oh, alien rat cheddar cheese pizza dick.
Marvin, look, the news!
P. Diddy was found not guilty?
Oh no, Marvin, those poor abused women. This is just gonna teach women not to come out about their abuse claims because justice is never served.
Hey, Daddy, we should probably call NASA and tell them to shit can these since we have my Chuck E. Cheese elevator.
Hey, Marvin.
Oh, hey, what are you doing here?
Whoa, what is that?
It's my Charles Entertainment Cheddar elevator to the Chuck E. Cheese on the moon.
Oh, that's cool.
Well, he thinks he can build an elevator to the moon, but I told him it's a dumbass idea.
You know, I actually work for NASA, and we've never thought of anything like that. That's a pretty good idea.
Huh, well, you guys should probably shit can these too.
Oh, we stopped making those back in 2010.
What do you want?
Oh, well, I assume you saw the Diddy stuff.
Oh, yeah, he was found not guilty.
Yeah, not guilty.
It's just a shame. No one ever takes women seriously when they share their trauma stories.
Any fucking way. He was only found not guilty because it was a hung jury. They were each pushing 10 inches at least.
But what's a hung jury?
Well, you see, during the jury selection process, we all just pick random people. But then after the verdict, we have everybody drop their trousers and we see how much they're packing. And if they're packing too much, we can't believe anything they say because they don't know what it's like to suffer. I mean, if I had a 10-inch dong, I'd be waving it at traffic. I'd be an OnlyFans model. I wouldn't need any other jobs.
So what does any of this have to do with me?
Oh, well, you see, Diddy has been handing out flyers at the courthouse.
Your elevator crashed.
Well, fuck.
Well, he was handing out flyers at the courthouse for his big not guilty freak-off party that he's going to have tonight, and no cops are allowed, I already asked. So what I need you to do is sneak into that party with a hidden camera and record as much evidence as you can so we can put him away for good this time.
What, you want me to go to a freak-off?
Absolutely not, Marvin.
I wasn't saying I was gonna go, but if I did go, what did you want me to do?
I mean, everything. Whatever he told you to do, and you'd have to record all of it, too. Just get really freaky, some really nasty shit.
What if he wants me to suck a wiener?
Then you gotta suck a wiener on camera, Marvin.
Marvin, you can only go if you can get justice for those women.
Oh, I am not gonna...
Hey, Daddy, can I go?
Wait, no one's going. I'm not going, you're not going.
But Daddy, what if you need backup? What if you get into some shit?
He's got a point, Marvin.
We're not getting in any shit because why the hell would I want to go there?
I mean, justice, for one.
Ew.
And also, you know, we offer a reward of $50,000.
$50,000. Now we're talking about potential wiener sucking money.
Okay, wow, I'm surprised that's all it took.
Well, no, listen, for $50,000 I'll go in there, but you said I have to wear a camera?
Oh yeah, it's a little one, it's barely noticeable, I'll go get it. Yeah, there you go, Marvin, there's the camera.
I feel like it's very noticeable.
No, see, that's what the cowboy hat's for. People are gonna be looking at the hat and not the camera. And then when Diddy sees that, he's gonna know you're a real cowboy, and he'll try to ride you like a horse.
Well, hopefully not. Baby, can you see the camera?
What camera?
See, Marvin, you'll be okay.
What if they do notice the camera?
They won't, Marvin, I'm a cop, I know a thing or two about being undercover.
Okay, fine. I guess I'll go to this Diddy party.
Hold on, Daddy. Let me get my fit on.
And let me just take this back off.
All right, Jeffy, do not act suspicious and get us caught.
Like how? Pointing out the Hubble telescope on your head?
Yeah, do not point out the camera.
Okay, I won't.
Hello?
Hey, is this a Diddy party?
Where's that baby oil? Oh, I want your asses out. I want it to be slick. I want a dolphin slide in it.
Oh, I don't know. Depends who's asking. You the cops?
Of course not. You can call him James Webb.
Yeah, my name's James Webb, and this is my friend,
Snicker Pippets.
Snicker Pippets.
So, Mr. James and Mr. Snicker, are you cops?
No, we're not cops.
Well, what's he wearing?
Oh, it's my gremlin outfit. Don't feed me ass after midnight.
Oh, you're perfect for this party. I just gotta pat you boys down and make sure you're not wearing any wires or hidden cameras. Hey, wait a minute. I really like your hat.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, that was close, Daddy.
What was close?
Your hand to my nutsack.
Well, if that makes you uncomfortable, maybe you're at the wrong party.
No, not uncomfortable. We love it.
All right, come on in, boys.
Whoa, Jeffy, this party's crazy.
Dang, look, they got booger sugar.
Oh, I have to get that on camera for the cops. Jeffy, look, it's the real P. Diddy.
Who the fuck brought a no button to my goddamn party? I am P. Diddy. I told y'all I want to have all the consensual ass in the goddamn world. And no, it's not the damn massa.
Turn it around, it says on.
Oh, I didn't even see that shit. Well, I told y'all I don't want you to keep your damn clothes on. What's wrong with y'all coming to a Diddy party with clothes on? God damn it. Let's get this party started. Who wanna play Hungry Hippos? Who gonna be the hippos and who eat my ass?
Right here, pick me.
Hey, sold to the man up front.
You're not gonna eat this, I am. Yes, I am.
Oh, wait, before we get started, let's get sweaty. Let's play Baby Oil Twister.
How do you play baby oil twister?
Oh, you just get lathered in baby oil. I'm talking about soaked in some good Johnson Johnson. You get down on all fours and it holds the gold.
What happens with the twister mat?
Oh, what map?
With the twister mat?
Huh?
Okay, there's a lot of illegal activity, huh?
Oh yeah, a lot of legal activity. What do you?
No, illegal.
Oh, what are you talking about?
The drugs.
Oh, that's sugar. What the hell? He's silly, man.
Yeah, he's right, Daddy, it's sugar.
Well, what would you do if a girl said no? Would you hit her?
No, tell her ass to leave. Get out, scram, skedaddle. We like consensual sex.
You don't seem like a bad guy.
I'm not that bad, man. I just like to party. Ass naked.
Well, can I use your bathroom?
Hold on. Let me take my jacket off first.
No. No. It's number 2.
Oh, you can use my shirt?
Oh, no. I gotta pass a kidney stone.
Oh, crunchy. But I'm all for it.
No. I gotta throw up.
It's the first time with throw up, but ain't no pussy.
No. I need to use a toilet. Like, where's your toilet?
Right here. My face.
I want to use a white toilet.
Wow, did y'all hear that? Fucking racist. A white toilet. He comes to a Diddy party and that's for a white toilet.
Listen,
a black toilet ain't good enough for you?
I just want to use a real toilet. Oh, come on, answer the phone.
Hey Marvin, you getting a good footage yet?
No.
What about handage?
Huh?
You know, footage, handage, mouthage, whatever freaky shit he's doing.
No, we have not done anything freaky.
Are you sure you're even at a Diddy party?
Oh, I'm at a Diddy party. He just hasn't done anything wrong.
That doesn't sound like Diddy. Are you sure it's really him?
Oh, no, it's really him. I mean, he wants us to play Hungry Hippos.
Is that code for something?
He wants us to be the Hungry Hippos and eat his butt.
And does anybody not want to do that?
No, I mean, everyone seemed like they wanted to or didn't mind. He said anyone who didn't want to can leave.
And you didn't leave?
I'm getting the footage for you.
Okay, I'm just saying. Sounds like you're kind of freaky to me.
Well, no, I'm doing my job, but he just hasn't done anything wrong.
Huh, maybe he's a changed man.
I mean, he could be a changed man. Do I still get the 50,000 if he doesn't do anything wrong?
No, you gotta catch him doing something bad.
Well, can I make him do something bad?
No, that's coercion. That's not allowed.
Well, I mean, he wanted me to poop on him.
Were you considering it?
What? No.
Just the way you said that sounded like you wanted to poop on him.
I didn't know if that was a crime I didn't know about.
No, I don't think so. It's just fucking weird.
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna take this camera off because it's hurting my head and I'm just gonna enjoy the party.
Okay, go poop on P. Diddy. More like Poo Diddy.
All right, I just got done using the bathroom.
Me too.
God, that was hot.
Yeah, I have a fever.
What, you pissed on P. Diddy?
Where's the telescope, Hubble?
I took off the camera, Jeffy, because there's no illegal activity here.
Uh-oh, guys. The party's over. It's 11 o'clock. Everybody go home. Aww. I guess it's time for the non-consensual after party. Well, if you say no, I still do it.
Oh, where's the camera? Where's the camera at?
Sir, I found a camera. I think someone was trying to record illegal activity.
Oh, hell nah. Piss on it and destroy it.
Yes, sir.
Looks like we gotta get going.
Oh, no. Nobody's leaving. The doors are locked. You gotta at least get pissed on before you leave.
I don't want to get pissed on. I'm saying no.
It's a party,
I'm
man.
saying no. I'm saying no.
Come on, no, you gotta stay here.
I'm saying no.
All right. At least hear my new song, okay?
What? New song?
Yeah, I just made a new song.
Yeah, welcome to Freak Central. The non-consensual party begins. Ooh, where that booty at? Time to get in. Hey, time to party, time to diddle. Let's make a Diddy sandwich, I wanna be in the middle. And all this pink sugar got me fruited like some Skittles. And yeah, I like women, but I got a thing for pickles. Hey, time to party, time to diddle. Let's make a Diddy sandwich, I wanna be in the middle. And all this pink sugar got me fruited like some Skittles. Yeah, I like women, but I got a thing for pickles. They tried to lock me up, but they didn't have a case. Got a jury scared they couldn't look me in the face. When the judge say I'm free, then there's a party at my place. Now throw them balls at me like I'm batting at the plate. Man booty dragging, but only if you're packing. Penthouse packed, and they got my willy wagging. Down on the satin, and your best friend can tag in. Ride me like a magic carpet, I think I'm Aladdin. It's a Diddy party, bring the sausage, what's the hickory? Thought I was in the shower, that's a stripper trying to piss on me. Me and Johnson best friends, we got history. Searching for booty, getting to the bottom of the mystery. I need to take a seat, my favorite one's a dildo. Slip something in your drink, then use your cheeks as a pillow. All I want is beef, put the meat across my grill though. Scrub my nuts on you like I'm clean and call me Brillo. Hey, time to party, time to diddle. Let's make a Diddy sandwich, I wanna be in the middle. And all this pink sugar got me fruity like some Skittles. And yeah, I like women, but I got a thing for pickles. Hey, time to party, time to diddle. Let's make a Diddy sandwich, I wanna be in the middle. And all this pink sugar got me fruity like some Skittles. Yeah, I like women, but I got a thing for pickles. She tryna mix my kids in the mac and cheese. The freeze come out when all the lanes are fast asleep. Cover you in the Diddy sauce, I need some ass to feast. You can call me Donkey Kongs, I'm tryna smash them cheeks. Let escorts touch my steak, tell them butter my meat. I only let my money spread if you're spreading your cheeks. Better have a tight ass if you're fucking with me. I got peanut butter in someone's pew stuck in my teeth. Get naked for fun, the escorts gon' show me their buns. I'm only eating if the booty tastes like butter pecan. Show off your guns, I'm tryna get a hole in one. I didn't eat before we freak, oh no, I might have the runs. You know the party going crazy, get your freak on. All the nasty things we do, you better never speak on. If you ain't trying to oil up, the nigga be gone. I'ma traumatize you, make you never wanna leave home. Hey, time to party, time to diddle. Let's make a Diddy sandwich, I wanna be in the middle. And all this pink sugar got me fruity like some Skittles. Yeah, I like women, but I got a thing for pickles. Hey, time to party, time to diddle. Let's make a Diddy sandwich, I wanna be in the middle. And all this pink sugar got me fruity like some Skittles. Yeah, I like women, but I got a thing for pickles.
So, guys, what do you want to do today?
We can go swimming. It's hot as balls outside.
It is hot outside. Let's go swimming, guys.
You guys have fun with that. I'm gonna stay here and play Genshin Impact.
What's Genshin Impact?
What? You've never heard of Genshin Impact?
Are you going to tell us what it is?
Well, look at the screen. That's Genshin Impact.
Whoa!
That's so sick! Damn right, whoa.
Well, Cody, what do you do in this game?
Well, you can run and jump. I mean, what other game can you do that in? None that I can mention.
So you can run and jump, and what else?
Well, you can also climb buildings, like some kind of superhero who can climb things. Maybe he was bitten by an insect, I don't know.
Oh my gosh, show me!
Look, I'm climbing that thing.
Whoa!
That's amazing! Yeah, check this out. You can also jump and hover, kinda. Look at me hover, kinda.
Oh my god. He's like hovering, kinda.
He's hovering, kinda. And then check this out. Goo-goo-goo-goo-goo.
Oh,
Yeah, guess what? You can also fight. Look at me fight this thing. I'm gonna fight it.
Yeah, kick him up. Yeah,
Fight.
beat him.
Fight.
Yeah.
Beat him up, Joey!
Die.
I'm sure fighting.
It's taking you forever to kill him.
Yeah, sometimes it does take a while, but that's just the game, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what else can you do?
Well, the best part is, check out this hunky dude I'm playing as. Isn't he the sexiest, hottest dude you've ever seen?
I mean, he is really not. I mean, I don't really like guys, Cody. Is there any girls?
Oh, hell yeah, there's girls. There's hot ones, too.
Oh, hot girls? I want to see the hot girls.
Yeah, I want to see these hot girls.
Check out the hot girls. This is Keking.
Okay.
This is Barbara.
Ooh, she's hot.
That's Jean.
Oh, mid.
This is Amber.
Okay.
That's Mona.
Ooh.
This is Fischl.
All right.
This is Raiden Shogun.
Wait. Cody. Who's that one?
Oh, this is Ning. You know what? I don't think I should say that one.
Oh my gosh, she's so hot.
She's banging.
Oh my god, I like her. I want to play as her. Wait. I think her name is Ningguang.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Ningguang.
Yeah, I don't want to play as any of these girls, though. I want to play as Ito, that sexy hunk.
Okay, well, can we play with you, Cody?
Well, of course you can play with me, Junior.
But we only have one PlayStation 5.
Oh, Junior. What I'm about to tell you is gonna blow your goddamn mind.
What?
You can also play this game on your phone.
What?
No way.
Wait, I can play a console game on a phone?
Yep, you sure can. I don't know how the hell they pulled that off.
Oh my god, so if I download this game on my phone, I can play with you on the PlayStation 5?
Oh yeah, you can play it on PS5, on your phone, iOS, Android, PC, all of that.
And it stops there?
It stops there, yeah.
Oh my god, well, I think my phone's dead, so let me go charge my phone and I'll play with you. So, Jeffy, you play with Cody for a second.
All right, I gotta go grab my phone.
Okay, I'm gonna keep playing Genshin Impact.
Alright, Cody, I got my phone.
Okay, Jeffy, get ready to check out Genshin Impact, an open-world action RPG game available on PC, Android, iOS, PlayStation 4, and 5. You can explore the vast magical world of Tevat where 7 kinds of elemental powers surge. Look at these awesome graphics!
I'm sorry, were you saying something, Cody? I was downloading the game.
Oh, never mind.
Alright, Cody, I'm gonna pick Amber because she's got bunny ears and rockin' cans.
Yeah, she's pretty cool.
Alright, I'm gonna go in this place with the Kiki. Oh, look at the Kiki. All in! Now I'm gonna shoot the Kiki with my bow and arrow.
Why'd you shoot the Kiki?
I don't know.
Well, come meet me for a second, Jeffy.
Alright, on your way, Cody. Hey, Cody, look at me, I'm a bunny rabbit. Boing, 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 boing.
Yeah, that's really cool, Jeffy. Okay, listen. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go fight a giant boss, okay? He's like a big ice monster, right?
Okay, well, I'm gonna run around and be a bunny rabbit, okay?
Okay, well, he's over here, so follow me.
Alright, boing, 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 boing,
You don't have
boing.
to do that. Look, you can glide and stuff, see?
Oh, yeah, I can glide a little bit, kinda.
Yeah, so just come this way. He's down here. We're gonna jump off. See? Okay, so we're gonna hover kinda down here, right?
Alright, yeah, I am hovering kinda all the way down.
Okay, so he's down here. He's like a big ice plant thing, okay?
Oh, okay, what's his name?
It's like Cryo Regis Vine. He's that thing.
Oh, I see him!
Yeah, he's huge. Okay, so just be really careful, okay? You're gonna die in like 2 hits.
Alright, well, I'm gonna do my best and he's not gonna touch me at all.
Okay.
I'm just gonna shoot my bow and arrow.
Yeah, you do that. Just hang back. I think I...
Oh, no! He's shooting at me!
Okay, well, be careful, Jeffy. Don't get hit.
Well, I haven't yet. He's not gonna touch me.
Okay, good. So I'm just gonna run up and start hitting him.
Oh, no, he hit me!
Well, you said that wasn't gonna happen.
Well, I tried my hardest, Cody.
Okay, well, just be careful.
No, no, he hit me again. He hit me. Alright, now I gotta run away.
Okay, but hurry, okay? I'm fighting him up here.
Alright, well, I gotta go run in the bush and eat some food real fast.
Okay, but just eat quickly because I'm up here beating the crap out of him.
I'm gonna eat as fast as I can.
Okay, just hurry. I need some help.
Alright, hold on, I gotta hide. Gotta go into my inventory, check this out. Oh, there's some ramen and
Are
some
you done?
pastries.
I mean, he's pretty tough. I mean, I'm doing okay, but like, I need your help.
Well, I'm trying. I just gotta eat some more food. I got a whole supermarket full of food in my backpack and I'm trying to eat
How
it.
did you get all that food? Okay, fine.
I found it.
Are you done yet? I need some help up here.
I'm coming back out right now, okay?
Look, I knocked him down. Just help me.
Alright, I'm doing my best. I'm shooting my bow and arrow at him again.
Yeah, good. You keep doing that. Well, oh, dude, we're doing so much damage right now. This is
Yeah, I
great.
can power that one
Dude,
up.
we're doing a great job here. He's almost half dead.
Oh no, he's getting back up! He's getting back up!
Good. Watch out! Watch out! Watch
I
out!
gotta run away again! Oh no! Oh no!
Careful. Be careful. Okay, I think I'm doing okay. Just watch out. Oh, he's doing a big ice thing. Watch out. He's
I'm
doing
done
his ice-
running! No, he hit me! He hit me again! I gotta go heal up!
Jeffy, come on. What are you doing? I need some help up here.
I have to eat more food!
Jeffy, all you're doing is eating. Stop having lunch and help me fight this damn monster.
I'm hungry!
What? Oh my god, how do you even have any food left? You've been eating this whole time.
I'm obese.
Jeffy, I need some help. I'm doing all the work up here.
I'm trying to eat some more ramen and some panda bear face pastries.
Okay, well, I don't know what that means, but I need your help fighting the ice monster. He's knocked down again.
Alright, I'm coming back out.
Okay, good. Okay, we've almost got him, okay?
Alright, I'm just shooting bow and arrows at his
Oh,
head.
finally, we got him.
Yeah, I did all the work.
No, you did none of the work. You were having dinner. I was over there beating the crap out of him.
I was hungry!
Well, did you get the orb thing?
Yeah, I got a blue orb and you're orange.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh man, Cody, that was so fun!
Maybe for you, you just ate the whole time. I had to do all the work.
Well, let's go fight another boss!
Actually, I think I'm gonna go play by myself.
Oh man, Cody, I was gonna change my character!
No, just let me know when you get good.
Fine, I'll just change my character. Ooh, I'll play as Ningguang. She's hot. I'm gonna run around her for a little bit. Oh, I wonder if she's wearing panties. Let's climb this wall and bingo! Panties! Houston can confirm panties.
Jeffy, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm playing this game called Genshin Impact. Check it out.
Well, Jeffy, wait, what are you playing? This girl's hot.
Yeah,
I'm just playing Genshin Impact.
All right, Jeffy, I think you should put the game down for a little while and let me play. I mean, go to your room. You're grounded.
Oh, okay, Dad.
Yeah, leave. You're grounded. Because I want to play the game. Ooh. Oh, man. She's hot. I wonder if she's wearing panties. Oh, bingo. Can confirm panties. Oh, man. This game is so much fun.
What you doing, Marvin?
Nothing.
What's on your phone?
Nothing. I was just searching for your Mother's Day gift.
Mother's Day was last month, Marvin.
Oh, well, I guess I was just looking for no reason.
Show me your phone.
There's nothing to look at. It just died.
Come on, Marvin, show me your phone.
Okay, I'll show you.
What is this?
That's a game. It's called Genshin Impact. It's so much fun. I love playing it.
Why are you playing as a hot girl?
I'm not. Jeffy was playing as her, and I just started to play for him because he wanted me to play for him, so I'm doing that.
Oh yeah, that's the reason you're playing?
Yeah, look, I can run around and I can jump. Look at me jump.
You're jumping a lot, Marvin.
Yeah, I'm jumping because of the graphics in her, and she's good at jumping.
Marvin, I don't like you playing this game.
Well, no, you love me playing this game because it brings us together, baby.
What?
It brings us all together because Jeffy was playing it, now I'm playing it, everyone plays it. It Genshin Impact brings us all together.
Hey, bro, do you play Genshin Impact?
Of course I play Genshin Impact. Playing it right now.
Oh, you want to play Genshin Impact together?
Yeah, of course. See, look, it brings us all together. Genshin Impact, it brings us together. It's such a fun game because you can cook and you can fish and you can play with your buddies and you explore, and the map is huge. How big's the map?
Oh god, it's so big. It's like the state of Montana big.
Yeah, it's bigger than that. It's huge.
Wow,
And
Marvin.
Genshin Impact's our life.
Yeah, so it's Genshin Impact. It's so fun.
I guess you weren't lying.
Yeah, it's the best game.
It's the best game I've ever played.
Best game. So how about you download it so we can play it and it can bring us together more?
Yeah, maybe I'll play.
Yeah, okay, all right, everyone, let's start chanting Genshin Impact.
Yeah.
Genshin Impact, Genshin Impact, Genshin Impact. Go download Genshin Impact for PC or PlayStation 4 or 5 or Baby, did you see the tiger?
What?
There was a tiger right there. You guys see the tiger, right?
What are you smoking, Daddy?
But there was a Tony, the tiger was right there.
Lay off the LSD. I didn't see anything.
Did you see it?
The Frosted Flakes, dude?
Yeah, the Frosted Flakes, the tiger, he was right there. He was
What?
Come on, Jeffy, you saw it.
I didn't see anything.
Well,
Are you
Jeffy,
okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, Jeffy. Go do something productive. Go take out the trash.
All right, Daddy. Come on, you're trash. I'm gonna take you out.
Actually, take out the trash.
All right, Daddy.
Do that. You'll do something. Do something. I'm losing my mind.
I found some lunch. McDonald's. Yummy.
Old stinky trash bag dick. Smells like shit and shit. Kobe! Fuck. Well, the trash man can get it. That's what he gets paid to do. Oh, what's this? A stinky jacket? I bet I'll look cool as tits wearing this.
Cheeseburger. Yummy. That was yummy. Wait, where'd my jacket go?
Hey, Stinky!
Me?
Yeah, you. I don't mind you eating trash out of the trash can, but you don't have to throw trash bags out in the middle of the road. It makes my job harder, and I know you don't know what that's like, but I don't appreciate it.
It wasn't me, and you got me on the counter. It wasn't me, and you got me on the sofa. It wasn't me. Shaggy.
Yeah, right, but go, shoo, scram, get out of here!
Baby, did you fart?
No, Marvin, girls don't do that.
Well, I smell fart, shit, and piss.
Right here.
Jeffy, did you take out the trash?
Your feeble skills are no match for the power of the dark side.
Where'd you get this stupid jacket from? It smells like ass.
I found it in the trash.
Ew, Jeffy, take that off. You need to get rid of it.
Yeah, Jeff, you need to wash it. It stinks.
Well, my asshole stinks and I don't wash that.
You're supposed to wash it.
Well, let me tell you this, Danny. If I take a bar of soap and I stick it between my ass and then I rub my body with it, I'm just rubbing my own ass all over my body, and I don't want to do that.
Well, wash your butt last.
Well, then check this out. The next time I go take a shower, I'm going to have to grab that bar of soap that was in my ass the last time I took a shower, and I'm still rubbing ass all over my body.
Okay, I have a bar of soap just for ass. I don't know, Jeffy, it's so stupid. Listen, just take the jacket off because it smells bad. You're making the room stink, and if you're not going to take it off, go to another room.
Okay, I guess I'll just go to another room. I can tell when I'm not wanted.
Oh my God. Do you rub your ass with the soap and then your body?
I don't feel comfortable having that conversation with you.
How are you supposed to wash your ass now?
Washcloth?
Okay, guys, are you ready for the ultimate trick shot? You're gonna shoot the basketball into the ceiling fan. It's gonna bounce off the blade, bounce off the wall, and then go into the hoop.
Sounds pretty tough, Junior.
Sounds impossible, dude.
It sounds impossible. We're gonna get on the first try.
Junior, what the hell are you guys doing up here?
We're trying for the ultimate trick shot, Chef. We're trying to be like Dude Perfect. We're gonna shoot the basketball into the ceiling fan. It's gonna bounce off the blade, bounce off the wall, and then go into the hoop.
No, the hell you're not. Your dumb ass is gonna break something. And then second off, the chances of you actually making it is impossible. You know what? If you actually make it, I'll buy you dumbasses some pizza.
You'll buy us some pizza?
Sounds pretty cheesy, Junior.
Sounds really cheesy.
What does that smell?
That'd be me. What are you guys doing?
We're trying the ultimate trick shot, Jeffy. We're trying to shoot this basketball into the ceiling fan. It's gonna bounce off the blade, bounce off the wall, and then go into the hoop. And if we get on the first try, Chef will buy us some pizza.
Oh, give me shit.
No way! He fucking did it! He fucking did it!
Suck tits and order pizza.
Yeah, order that pizza.
No way in fucking hell! You know what? Fine, I ordered the damn pizza.
He actually did it, Jeffy! How did you make that shit on the first try?
Probably my stinky jacket.
Ugh, I don't it smells like ass.
Yeah.
Oh man, Jeffy, I cannot believe you got on the first try. I'll never get over that.
Yeah. Well, I ordered you one single pepperoni pizza.
What? No cheese sticks?
No damn cheese sticks. I didn't say I was ordering cheese sticks.
Well, what kind of pizza party doesn't have cheese sticks?
You need cheese sticks.
It's not a freaking pizza party. I told you I was only ordering pizza, okay? So only pizza. Here's the $20 for when the pizza man gets here. Open the damn door for when he gets here.
Oh my god, one pepperoni pizza? That's so lame.
I know, right?
That must be him. Come on, guys, let's answer the door. Hello?
Hey there, I got 4 pizzas and some cheese sticks for you.
4 pizzas? Chef Pee said he only ordered 1 pepperoni.
Oh no, I got 2 pepperoni, 2 supreme, and some cheese sticks.
How much is all this gonna cost?
$70.
$70? All Chef Pee did was give me a $20 bill.
Oh, sorry kids, that sucks, but I can't just give away free pizza. That'd be crazy.
Oh, I wish I had all the pizza.
You know what? It is my last shift of the night, and I'm feeling pretty generous. You kids should just take the pizza.
Wait, really?
Yeah, you can go ahead and have it.
Do you at least want the $20?
Oh yeah, I'll take that for the tip.
Oh, I wish I had $20.
Ugh, you know what? You smell like you need this money more than I do. Use that to buy yourself some soap.
Really? Thanks, mister.
Oh my god, guys! We just got free pizzas and cheese sticks and we gotta keep our money! This is the luckiest day ever! Woo! Cheese sticks!
Oh, dude, I'm about to go crazy on this pizza.
I'm so happy. It's the happiest day of my life. Look at all this pizza!
I know!
Oh, Jeffy, open that box. What kind of pizza is that?
Oh my god! No flippity flopping way, Junior!
What's going on?
Jeffy got the golden slice of pizza!
What does that mean?
Junior, didn't you hear? Papa John had to give away his factory because he said the N-word during a business meeting, so if you find the golden slice of pizza, you get to go to the Papa John's factory and you might even be able to take it over!
Oh my god, Jeffy! That's you! You get to do that! You're the one who found it!
Well, what do I do with it?
Run home, Jeffy! Run home as fast as you can!
Okay.
Marvin, pick a card, any card.
I don't want to do a dumb magic trick, baby.
Marvin, it's not a dumb magic trick. I'm trying to be a magician.
Dang, look! I got the golden slice of pizza! So now I get to go to Papa John's house and say the N-word with him.
What?
Marvin, you didn't hear that Papa John's was giving away a golden slice of pizza? And if you find it, you get to go to the factory.
Is that spray paint?
Yup. And dang, look! I also got $20.
How'd you get $20?
The pizza man gave it to me.
No, he did not. Pizza man don't give you money, they give you pizza, not money. You give them money for pizza.
No, he gave it to me because of my lucky jacket.
That jacket is not lucky. It's smelly and you need to throw it away because it's gross.
No, Daddy, it's been lucky all day. I got the golden slice of pizza, I made a trick shot, and also I got $20.
Jeffy, I have an idea. Let's see if you're really lucky. I'm gonna pick a random card and you guess what it is.
9 of clubs.
Oh my god, Marvin, he got it right! Jeffy, how did you know?
I'm telling you, it's my lucky stinky jacket.
Okay, listen, that was just a lucky guess. It doesn't mean you're lucky. It was just, that was a 1 in, what's the odds?
52 factorial.
Whatever. Listen, make him guess another one.
Okay, Jeffy, what about this one right here?
5 of hearts.
Oh my god, he got it right!
Okay, that is it. Okay, those are 2 lucky guesses, and anyone could do that. I mean, you go do it to a bunch of people, enough people would guess it right after twice. Okay, listen. Your jacket's not lucky, okay? These are all just coincidences.
No, my jacket is lucky. We should take the $20 and go to the casino.
I mean, this is all the money we have, Jeffy. We had no money, and the reason I took it from you is because we need money for food.
Marvin, you have food right there. It's only $20. Just take it and go.
Come on, Daddy.
Okay, fine. We'll go to the casino. Oh, man, Jeffy, I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous, Daddy. This jacket's lucky as fuck.
But, Jeffy, all we have is $20 for the rest of the month. If we lose this money, we can't eat.
Put that shit on black, Daddy, like the lines that matter.
Okay.
No more bits!
Oh, Jeffy, this is a mistake. We're gonna lose all our money.
We're not gonna lose, Daddy.
24 black!
24 black.
Daddy, we won!
We won?
Here's your $20.
Oh my God, we just doubled our money.
Let it ride.
No, we're not letting it ride. We're going home.
Let it ride.
We doubled our money. We're going home.
Let it ride.
Let it ride!
No, we're not letting it ride. I'm taking my money.
Too late, no more bits!
Oh my God.
Daddy, if we win, it'll be 80.
If we lose, it'll be 0.
29 black!
29 black.
Here's your money!
Let it ride.
And I'm gonna have to ask you gentlemen to leave.
Well, I didn't know the casino closed.
No, it's been black 30 times in a row. We're gonna have to close the table to check the machine.
Daddy, is this jacket stinky as shit or what? Smell me.
Shimmy! Look at all this cash.
Wow, Marvin, you must have done really well at the casino.
Yeah, we did, because we let it ride. Let that motherfucker ride.
Jeffy, Jeffy really is lucky.
Oh, yeah, he is. He's my little lucky stinker.
Yep.
All right, so get some sleep, Jeffy, because we have a busy day at the casino tomorrow.
Jeffy, speaking of being a stinker, do you want me to wash your jacket so it's nice and clean for you tomorrow?
Yeah, sure, Mommy. Oh, there you go.
All right, Jeffy, rise and shine. It's 5 a.m. It's prime casino hours.
I'm awake.
All right, Jeffy, why don't you have your jacket on? Put it on. Come on, hurry up.
Oh, sorry, Daddy.
Why would you ever take that off? That's the reason why we're making all this money. That's why we're making all this cash. Yeah, come on.
I see you gentlemen are back. The table's back up and running. We checked the machine and there's nothing wrong with it.
What'd you expect? Don't hit the play or hit the game. Shib.
So, what are you guys betting today?
All of it.
Oh, all of it. Are you betting it on black again?
What's it look like? Shibby!
All right, letting it ride.
Let it ride. Let that motherfucker ride. Let it ride. Let it ride.
Right.
That's right, 16 black.
No, 16 red, you lose.
He said red. Oh, fuck. What the fuck would he say red? Sir, there's got to be a mistake. You said the machine, you had to check the machine, right? Are you sure it wasn't black?
No, we checked the machine and everything's working great. You just lost.
No, we bet on black and it should have been black. Jeffy, what the fuck did you do?
I didn't do anything.
No, what the? Wait, why don't you smell like shit?
Mommy washed my jacket.
Why the fuck would you let her do that?
I was sleeping.
If the jacket's lucky because it smells like shit, then why the fuck would you tell me it didn't get washed? Because now we lost a lot of goddamn money.
It's not my fault. I didn't do it.
Sorry, there was a mistake. Can we get a redo, please? Can we get a redo? That was a mistake. We were joking.
Well, do you have any more money to bet?
No, that was all our money. That was all that we had.
Then I'm gonna have to ask you gentlemen to leave the table if you're not gonna make any more bets.
Fuck. I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Do it.
I'm so
Your mommy
fucking
did it.
pissed.
Mommy did it.
Come on.
Hey, Marvin, how was the casino?
Why does Jeffy smell like Downey?
That's rude. You cannot smell my syndrome.
Marvin, I washed his jacket so he wouldn't be so stinky.
Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I can't. I see why Chris Brown did it. I can't do this. I can't be with you. You washed the jacket. The only reason it was lucky is because it smelled like shit.
Marvin, that's ridiculous. There's no way.
Yeah, the smellier it was, the luckier he got because we just lost all our money. We lost it all.
Oh, no, Marvin, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, and I want a divorce.
What? Well, I get half.
Well, half of nothing is more nothing.
I don't know. That necklace is awfully shiny, Marvin.
I got this from a Walmart gumball machine. This is not fucking real. I wanted more money to bet, and we just lost it all because you washed his lucky fucking jacket. I can't believe you washed it. Why'd you have to wash it? I didn't care. I didn't care about. Did you hear me complain about the smell ever again? When I had all that money, did I ever complain about the smell? No, I love the smell. I would have laid in the rest of my fucking life.
Marvin, what do you want from me?
I want my money back. I lost it all.
Well, Daddy, I can always shit in my pants and make it stinky again. Oh, I felt a whole lot of yuck coming out of my ass.
Why? Why me? I don't get it. I don't understand. He understood.
Guys, what do you want to do today? We should build this robotic smart machine. You can build up to 8 different kinds of robots. Like, we could build a bug, or a gorilla, or a dinosaur, or, or playtime. Playtime's cool too.
So, Sally, how was school today?
Oh, it was okay. I got a C on my... I got a C on my Spanish test.
Oh, no bien. Really? A C? I can't believe you. How are you going to communicate with your future stepdad? You should probably ask him for help for your homework. He speaks really good Spanish.
¿Necesitas ayuda?
Mom, I have no idea what he's saying.
You know, I think our school should teach our kids English. You know, the language our country speaks. Not that made-up Mexican bullshit.
Damn it, Junior, why are you smoking in the kitchen? You know I have asthma.
Well, why are you bringing Mexicans to the dinner table? You know I have asthma against Mexicans at my dinner table that you're banging.
Well, Dad, smoking is really bad for you.
You know what else is bad for you? Being in a country that you don't have legal papers to be a fucking citizen in.
You know what else is bad for you? Not being able to provide for your damn family because you're a drunk hillbilly.
You know what else is bad for you? Banging a Mexican and bringing him to my dinner table when he's not supposed to be in this country.
Why do you keep on bringing up his damn race?
I'm just bringing up that he's Mexican.
That's his race.
Yeah, Dad, you do say that a lot.
Every time.
Well, I'm just glad that I voted for someone that's gonna clean up this country and stop people from banging my wife that are Mexican.
You know what? You need to just worry about getting a damn job.
Well, I'm sitting by the phone waiting for the many job applications that I applied to call me back.
No one's gonna call you because you're a freaking drunk racist.
I'm only drunk and racist.
See?
Well, listen. The phone is ringing. I'm gonna answer this because it's a job, and everyone shut up. I'm get this job.
Yeah, right.
Hello?
Hello, is this Junior?
Oh my God, it's immigration! Run! It's ICE! Run!
No, really, Junior?
No, I'm just kidding.
God damn it, Junior! I don't know if he has his papers.
He doesn't. Yeah, this is Junior.
Hello, we are calling in regards to the job application you submitted earlier today. We are wanting to possibly interview you for tonight.
Oh, I can do it tonight.
Perfect. What time are best for you? Maybe right now?
Oh, I can do right now anything to get me away from my ugly ass family.
Perfect.
All right, see you soon.
So who was that? One of your hookers?
I wish, but no. It was actually a job that wants to interview me tonight. And they want my qualifications because it's a very prestigious job and they want my skills.
I didn't know ass wiping was an actual job.
Okay, I'll be back with a high-paying job, guys.
Yeah, right.
Hello, thank you for coming to Fresh Mart. How far may I be of help to you today?
My name's Junior. I'm here for a job interview.
Okay, perfect. For the interview, I do need to ask you some preliminary question, okay?
You need to ask me Illuminati questions.
No, some preliminary question?
Okay.
Like question for the interview, can you answer?
Yes.
Okay, first question. Do you know how far to count the money?
Yes, I know how to count money. I used to work in a big corporate job and we handled millions of dollars, so I know how to do that stuff.
Okay, very good. Next question. Do you have your driver license?
No, I do not have a diver's license, but I don't know why I would need a diver's license to work at a grocery store, unless you have to dive to get the inventory in the back.
No. Listen, very good. Listen, your driver license.
Bitch, I heard you the first time. I don't have a diver's license, but why would I need a diver's license to work at a grocery store? Do you have a diver's license?
Yes, I do have driver license, okay?
Oh my god, you go diving all the time? Like, how deep have you been?
No, listen. How far you get to this interview today?
I sure as fuck didn't dive to get here. I drove my car.
Okay, do you have license for your car?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so you have driver license.
No, do not have a diver's license, but I have a driver's license for my car.
Yes, perfect. Now, last question. Do you have any reference for the job?
Oh, I used to work at Papa Murphy's Pizza, so yeah. I mean, we ended that job mutually because I was such a good person at my job that he wanted to see me succeed.
Okay, perfect. Very good. I would give him a call very quick. Stay right here.
No, I wouldn't call Papa Murphy. He got in a car accident and died last week and lost his voice.
Hello, I am Farhood from Freshmart. I am calling in regards to an applicant who has used you as a reference on his application.
Okay. Well, who is it?
His name is Junior.
What? Who the fuck, Junior? Oh, that broke big nose suck his hair, motherfucker! He trying to use me as a reference? Oh, hell no! That nigga owe me money! He can't use me as fucking shit until he pay me back! He been running them goddamn pockets every single time he get paid! So you should be putting my damn name on that damn paycheck every single time! Papa Murphy! P.A.P.A. Murphy, bitch!
Okay, perfect. We will do that. Thank you so very much. He said that we could hire you, okay?
What? He said that?
Yes.
What? He must have actually gotten a car accident and bumped his head because there's no way in hell. Okay, well, if he said he can hire me, did I get the job?
Yes, of course you have the job.
Well, when can I start?
You can start right now, okay? Come here.
Oh, hell yeah. I got a job. I can start making money, provide for my family, kick the Mexican out of my house.
Hey man, just these pastas.
Okay.
You gotta crank it by hand.
Yeah, this cheap Indian shit. Okay, that'll be $3, I guess.
All I have is 90.
I said it was $3.
I know, but I only have 90.
Well, I see there's 3 10s and 3 20s. You can just give me 1 10.
No, I can't. They're all glued together. See, I had glue in my pocket and all the bills got glued together.
Well, we can't accept money that's been glued together.
But that's legal tender. You have to take that.
Listen, I don't even have 87 ones.
Well, how am I going to get my pastos?
Well, I guess you're not going to get your pastas unless you have a credit card.
Well, I don't have a credit card. I just have glued cash. Wait, aren't you the garbage man I punched in the face who cried like a little bitch?
Wait, aren't you the guy that's not about to get his can of pastos?
Whatever, man. I don't even need my pastos. I'll just take my glued money elsewhere.
Yeah, well, you're not welcome here. Your kind's not welcome here.
Junior, did you just tell a customer he's kind or not welcome here?
Yeah, because he walked in here talking about some bullshit saying Indians are stinky, so I was just defending you.
Oh, thank you so much then. You know what? You are so for deserving a raise in 3 to 6 months.
Yeah, I am deserving of a raise. I'm doing a really good job over here, but I would say the register is low on money. There's only a few ones in there.
Okay, you just need to have more customers for more money in the register, okay?
Wait, that doesn't make any sense because if we don't have any change to give back, then we'll lose a lot of customers.
Yes, but if you have more customers, they give you more money to put in the register, okay? You just need more customers.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good luck.
That doesn't make any fucking sense.
Oh, Corbin, I don't know if I can do this. I don't want to get arrested.
Oh, come on, Sally. It's just an Indian lady that works here. She's not gonna ID us. Plus, if she does, I'll just sing.
Oh, you're right. That always works. Excuse me, ma'am. We'd like to buy these beers. Oh, shit, it's my dad.
Sally, you're trying to buy beer and Corbin Blue.
We're 21. We don't have our IDs 'cause they're in the car. Don't ask for them. We
21. I know you're not 21. And Sally, if you're gonna steal those beers, put them in my fridge. This job is so boring. We barely have any customers. Ooh, I didn't know we sold scratch-offs. Might as well do it while I'm on the job. You know, get me out of this shithole.
Junior, I coming for tell you that I have mailed out your first paycheck, okay? I just want to make sure that I got the name on the check correct, okay?
Okay.
I put P.A. Murphy, okay?
Wait, no, that's not my name. That's Papa Murphy. Why would you write the check to Papa Murphy?
Because when I do the call for the reference, he tell me you owe him very much many money, okay? So
You don't give him my money? I don't owe that motherfucker money. Wait a minute, what's that? Fart Hoot! I just want $1 million!
Farhood, and did you pay for that?
You take it out of my paycheck! I just want $1 million!
Okay.
Oh, delicioso. Tres leches.
Hey, cerveza. How about that one, Step Pops?
You think we have time for a microwave quickie like haple, simpapia?
God, you making my chalupa moist, baby.
Ring, 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 ring. Oh, who's calling? Oh shit, it's the Monopoly Man. I just passed go, bitch.
Oh my God, Junior, where did you get all that damn money?
Let's just say Uncle Sam said he picked me to cash his checks, beep.
What? What is that supposed to mean?
I'm just saying I'm glad I live in a country where I can win the lottery, beep.
There's no way in hell you won the lottery, Junior. You can't even afford a ticket.
I was at this Indian grocery store and I said, give me one of them tickets. I'm feeling lucky. I scratched it and God said, you're my favorite, beep.
Oh my God. We're rich. We're really, really rich.
We're rich.
We're rich.
Okay, what's with all this weird? No, there is no we. There is no we're. There's only me. I'm rich. I'm the one with the paper. I'm the one with the money. I'm not picking any of you guys to have my money.
Stop being selfish, Junior. We are rich. We are a family. Yes, we won the lottery. You got to spend it with us.
Well, actually, the only person I have to take care of is Sally, so there's your cut. And no, I'm not dealing with you. You banged a Mexican in my house.
I only banged that Mexican to motivate you. You actually got a job because I banged that Mexican. If I didn't slide on his penis, you wouldn't actually be working right now. You wouldn't be rich.
Yeah.
You should be thanking God that I slid on his penis.
Okay, well, yeah, you know what? You did motivate me. You motivated me to win the lottery and have millions and to leave your fucking ass. Your cheating, stupid fucking ass. I might keep the Mexican to clean my toilets, but no. You know what? You and Frito-Lay are gone.
No, you're supposed to be in love with me because I love you forever.
You don't love me forever. You didn't love me when you were sliding on his Taco Bell chalupa.
I did. I was still thinking of you even though I was on top of him.
Oh, yeah, that makes a lot of fucking sense. You're just a fucking slut. You know what? There's gonna be a lot of changes around here. A lot of single, hot, sexy women just jumping on me. They'll jump on my chalupa.
No!
Then, you know what? I'm gonna go outside because I think I rubbed a lamp. And there's a guinea outside. Beep!
What?
Okay, Genie, I'm ready for my 3 wishes.
Oh my God, you're so hot and rich.
Yeah, I'm definitely the last one. So this is a 4-seater car. So tell me why there's so many Benjamin Franklins.
Whoop, whoop.
It's the son of the police.
Sir, are you drinking and driving?
No, this car is parked. I am drinking, but me and these girls are about to have a human centipede, and I was gonna be in the middle. And the one in the back's not gonna be very happy because I don't wipe so well. When you're wiping with hundreds!
Sir, I'm gonna need you to get out of the vehicle.
Oh, you wanna join this centipede?
No, especially after what I just heard.
Oh, no, you don't have to be in the back. You can be in the front. I mean, well, how do you wipe? Do you use money too?
No.
Well, you use wet wipes? If you use wet wipes, you can be in front of me.
You know what? I'm gonna perform a sobriety test. Say your ABCs.
Oh, if you do the human centipede and you're in front of me, you'll feel the ABCs. A, B, C.
Please stop it.
Oh, listen, baby. How much money for you to strip search yourself?
No, you're under arrest.
For what?
For driving drunk.
I was not driving. The car was in park. Ladies, did this car ever move?
No, this car never moved.
Oh, I mean, it's about to move. It's about to go
Get
back
out
and
of the
forth.
car. You're getting a DUI.
What? Oh, you want a DEI? Trump banned DEIs.
No, a DUI.
Oh, a DUI. You want my D? You want my D? A D for you? For my?
No.
A DUI?
DWI.
DUI. Driving while insanely rich?
Get up against the car. You're under arrest.
Oh, shit. I like where this is going. Turn your body cam on. This is police sexuality, brutality. Baby, yeah, keep going.
Junior, stop it. You're being weird.
No, seriously. For the playtime, you should totally do it. You should go crazy.
No, Junior, we're done. You made it weird. I'm leaving.
I made it weird now. Oh, wow, Penelope. Way to ruin playtime. Oh, well, you guys are leaving too. Oh, well, you're the one who made it weird. It was not weird until you made it weird. God darn it. Well, I'm going to do tonight.
I don't know, dude. I'm bored.
Oh, we haven't played board games in a while. I could go grab a few new ones.
Oh my God, yeah, go pick some new board games. That'd be so fun.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, our first game is Fainting Goats.
Why is this game called Fainting Goats?
Well, apparently you yell moo at the goats to make them faint.
You yell moo at a goat?
That's what the kid in the picture's doing.
Dude, ghosts don't move. They go bah.
Yeah, you're right, but apparently whoever made this game thinks they say moo.
Well, even that goat has cow spots.
Yeah, you're right. I think they kind of wanted to make a game about cows.
Then why didn't they call it Fainting Cows and use cows?
I don't know. It's not like the animal matters.
Yeah, I mean, maybe they couldn't get the rights to use a cow.
They couldn't get the rights to cows? You don't have to get the rights to cows.
Well, maybe your mom didn't answer the phone.
Can we just focus on the game, please?
Okay, Cody, how do you play the game?
Okay, so first you have to draw a card, and that tells you what noise you gotta make. So I have to say blub blub to make the goats faint. What the fuck are we even doing here?
Come on, Cody, show us how to play.
Okay, so you press this button. Well, okay, first you have to turn it on.
You didn't turn it on?
It was on, I guess it just, whatever. Okay, so you press this button, okay, and then this tells you how loud you have to say blub blub. So I have to say blub blub really fucking loud to make these goats faint.
Okay, do it.
Well, get to it.
Blub blub! See, I did it.
Whoa!
That's the spirit, dude.
Oh my God, you're really good at saying blah blah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna draw the next card. It's my turn. Okay, my sound is choo choo like a train. Oh, like Thomas, I'm so gonna do this.
Oh yeah, this is perfect for you, dude.
All right, Cody, how loud do I have to say choo choo?
Let's see.
Hopefully really loud. I can scream that shit.
That's pretty quiet, Junior.
What, trains aren't quiet?
Well, that's what you gotta do.
Okay, fine, I'll try.
Okay, you ready?
Choo choo!
What the hell was that? Dude, quiet, you dumbass.
There's no such thing as a quiet train, Joseph.
Well, it said quiet. That's the game, idiot.
That was the quietest train I think I could ever have done.
What?
No, you gotta do it way quieter than that, Junior.
All right, Joseph, you fucking try if you think
Watch
you do
this, idiot. Choo-choo.
No.
Come on.
Yeah, because there's no such thing as a quiet train. There's a trick card.
But it was quieter than yours.
Okay, your turn, Jeffy. Nope.
Yeah, see, there's no such thing as a quiet train, guys. I'm telling you.
Guys, watch. I can do this. Choo choo.
Ain't no way.
Oh, bullshit! Fuck this game! This game is bullshit. There's no such thing as a quiet train, and there's just no way.
I definitely won the first time. I don't care.
Yeah, there's just
I got it. I won.
No, you don't even know anything about trains, Cody. Okay, if you know everything about trains, then what year was Thomas Edison invented?
1936.
No.
Wait, you know?
No, I don't either, but I just know that's not it.
Okay, fuck off! Okay, guys, so this next game is Moo Moo A Chew, an actual cow-based game.
Wait, why is this not called Moo Moo Go Chew?
I don't.
Because now it's a cow game, so it should be good. It's actually, hold on to my joke. It's not funny. Let me start.
Okay.
It should be called Ba Ba at You. Because the last one was fainting goats and it said moo, so this should make goat sounds and then not moo.
You're right, it should. Yeah. I'm gonna read the instructions now. So what you want to do is draw a card, and if you want to get as many clovers as possible, but when you get a dandelion, you have to press the button on top of her head, and if she sighs, you get to keep the card, and if she does a little sneeze, you have to get rid of the card, and if she farts, uh-oh, Moo Moo sneezed so hard she tooted. So then you gotta take the poop token, I'm assuming this is the poop token, and then if you end the game with the poop token, you lose 2 clover points. And the game is over when she does a big sneeze.
Moo got a big ass nose.
Yeah.
She does. I mean, is this sculpted off your mom, Cody?
No, okay. let's just start the game.
Yeah. All right. So let's. How do we play?
I gotta turn on Moo Moo. Hold on.
You know how to turn on your mom?
Okay.
You finger her butt.
God damn it, Junior.
Freak ass mama.
Play with her udders.
Okay.
Her big long nipples.
The instructions say whoever saw a cow most recently starts first.
Well, Cody.
Yeah, you just got back from your house.
Okay, well, I guess I'll go first then. Fuck you guys.
She even got it up.
Okay. I got 2 clover points, but I gotta press the button. Okay.
When's she gonna shit her pants?
Not yet. Okay, I get to keep this card though, so somebody else go.
Okay, so now what?
I'm gonna go.
What do you got?
I got a clover and a thing.
You gotta press it. Hold on, I got it. You get to keep it.
Darn, I wonder shit.
With What did that happen?
She was threatening to sneeze, but she didn't.
Okay.
Okay, so.
All right, Joseph, you draw.
I got you.
What is it saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Alright, she's just singing it. Shit.
Tell your mom to hush, Cody. We're in the middle of the game.
All right, press the button.
Press the button. No sneeze.
Oh, she's shit! She fucking shit!
God.
I think she's shit!
She needs some Moo Moo Metamucil.
Joseph, you get the shit card.
Yeah.
Nah, that's some bullshit.
Cody's mom shit on your face.
She dookied.
Freaky mama.
Okay,
It's your turn, Junior.
can you someone draw the card for me? Why did she do that?
Oh,
She said, ew.
you don't have to press the button.
Why?
Because you didn't get one of
You
those.
didn't get a dandelion.
All right, well, that's fucking gay.
Well, that was the rule. I'm sorry.
All right, well, let me see if I get to press the
It
button.
was my turn.
Yes!
I kind of knew she was gonna sneeze because the song started.
Yeah, but nothing came out.
Yeah, it's, I think you have.
She's congested.
All right, Joseph, your turn. Your turn, Joseph.
Alright.
I want her to diarrhea.
You don't have to press it either.
Well, what is this game?
I'm sorry. This is how it works.
All right, my turn.
Okay, I feel like I should have gotten a turn by now, but
Oh, press the button. Press the button. Press the button.
got it. No. Whoop.
Just a little bit of snot came
I
out.
guess that was a sneeze.
Okay.
All right. Whose turn is it?
Mine. Okay.
Wait, you get to press it 3 times.
No, I only have to press it once because I got one dandelion.
Okay, press it.
Oh, she's shit! You made her shit! You made your mom shit!
I didn't make it. It's not my mom.
Yes, it is.
Get the
I
poop.
need the poop card.
Oh, there you go. She the booty boy.
When does it spit out bubbles?
I'm gonna go again.
Okay. Nope, nothing.
She sighed.
Yeah,
Does she ever?
Maybe she's all out of shit.
Does she ever blow bubbles? She shit more than bubbles came out.
that's somebody's card. I'll go press it again. I saw one bubble.
I don't know if the game's over or not.
I feel like I saw one bubble. I think it's over.
Did you set the game up right, Cody?
I think I did. I poured the moo moo juice into her butt.
What?
Fuck yeah.
The moo moo
Your
juice.
mama is going wild.
Okay, I'm done playing this. It's not my mom, okay? It's not my fucking mom. I don't want to play anymore if you guys are gonna say it's my mom.
You brought her here.
Okay, who's picking out these lame ass games?
I just go and I go to the store and I find.
Guys, I could make a better game than these board games we play.
No way you can.
No, these fucking companies can't tell the difference between a cow and a goat, and then whenever they do make a cow, they make it shit, and there's no bubbles. I've not seen a single bubble come out of her
I
nose.
think I saw one.
She's congested.
You know,
I need some moo moo juice so I can stick it in her pooper.
you know what, guys? I'm gonna go make my. You know what? I'm gonna write a letter. Shut the. Keep telling her to shut up.
I'll turn her off.
Yep.
Okay, what were you saying?
Okay, I'm gonna go write a letter to the board game company.
Oh, okay.
Actually, no. You know what? Fuck that. I think we all should make our own board games, and whoever makes the best board game, we can send it in. And if they accept our ideas, then we make better board games than they do.
Oh yeah, I can make the best board game.
Okay, let's do that.
Watch this.
Guys, get in here. Come see the board game I invented.
Junior, this is Connect 4.
Yeah, we played this game before, dude.
No, this is better than Connect 4. This is Connect 2.
What?
That's a short ass game, dude.
No, guys, it's better because Connect 4 takes a long time, but Connect 2 is for people who don't have a lot of time. Look, I'll show you. All right, Cody, you go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you are so screwed. I win.
But Junior, this is stupid.
Wait, why?
Well, because whoever goes first always wins.
Yeah, it's unblockable, dude. You can't beat that.
Oh, you guys are just sore losers because I'm good at the game. I'm the best guy at Connect 2.
You can't be the best because you're always going to win if you go first.
Oh, listen, the people who buy the game won't know that if they go first, they win.
And then when they find out, they're going to stop playing because they don't want to lose.
Not the person who goes first. He's always going to want to play.
Yeah, and then no one's going to want to play with him.
Okay, what if they flip a coin to see who gets to go first?
Well, then you might as well stop with the coin toss because whoever wins that wins the whole game.
Okay, well, how about this? We'll use this number cube instead of a coin.
It's not a number cube, it's dice.
Well, listen, if I roll 1 through 3, I go first. If you roll 4 through 6, you go first.
That's the same as flipping a coin.
It's not the same as flipping a coin. A coin has 2 sides, the cube has 6 sides.
But if you divide the numbers in half, it's the same as a coin.
There's no half of 6.
3 is half of 6.
Okay, if you have a sandwich, you cut the sandwich in half. That's like a coin, right? Because it's 2 sides, there's 2 pieces of sandwich, right? Okay. So you get a piece, I get a piece. But if we cut a sandwich into 6 pieces, 6 people get a sandwich.
And if we both have 3, then we're both having half.
Well, I don't need 3 pieces of a sandwich because I'm not that hungry.
Junior, your game is stupid.
Okay, listen. Okay, you know what? let's roll 2 dice, right? Okay, if I roll the 2 dice and I get 1 through 6, I go first. If you roll the 2 dice and you get 6 through 12, you go first.
Junior, it's still half.
Okay, how the fuck is it? That's 12 sides.
What? But Junior, it doesn't matter.
Okay, how about this? You grab a cube, all for yourself, right? And I grab one.
I said it's dice.
Okay, and whoever rolls the highest number gets to go first.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
I go first.
Ooh,
How
you
about
got
that?
your ass on that one.
Yeah, okay.
Best 2 out of 3. How about no new rule. Best 2 out of 3 on the dice roll.
Okay.
Ooh, it's a tie.
Okay.
That means it's jiggle weather.
What the fuck does that mean? Is that a term you made up for your game?
It's jiggle weather. That means.
What's that have to do with the game? I'm lost.
Please explain what the fuck jiggle weather is.
And where do we use this in this game?
Okay, so jiggle weather is you mix all the pieces together, and then I go first.
Okay, well, fuck you.
This is rigged.
Your game sucks.
Did you make a better game, Cody?
I actually did, yes. Okay, guys, my game is called Twist 'em.
Like the game Twister?
What's that?
The game where you spin and you put your hand on green.
Oh, I mean, that's kind of what you do, but I don't know what you're talking about. You spin this little spinner right here, and then whatever body part it lands on, that's the color you put it on. So let's see. So now, I gotta put my wiener on blue. There you go. Go ahead and spin, Junior.
Okay.
Now you gotta put your face on blue.
Whoa.
I have a preference of which one you pick.
Okay, I'm not playing this game, Cody.
Oh, come on. Joseph, come on. Your turn.
Nah, I'm not playing this gay-ass game, dude. I'll pass.
Okay, fine. I'll spin for Ken. Let's see. Oh, you gotta put your abs on green, Ken. There you go.
Okay.
You sure you guys don't want to play?
He's clinking, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna respin.
Oh, you gotta put your wiener on blue. We could touch tips.
Jesus.
I'm not doing this. This game, I'm spinning one more time.
Oh, you gotta put your face on yellow. Go for it, Junior.
Pretty close to his
Put
wiener,
your face
dude.
on yellow.
Okay, no, I'm spinning one last time because I don't want any of these.
You gotta put your ass on green.
Okay, I can do that one.
Joseph.
No.
Okay, Ken's turn. Oh, you gotta put his wiener on yellow. Scoot that wiener right over.
All right, Cody, you do.
Okay. Let's see, I gotta put my wiener on red.
Y'all are just wiener hopping, dude.
Oh yeah, that's what the game's all about.
Okay, well, I don't think this game is good. I think this game is bad. We're not sending this into a game company because they're not going to pick it.
Well, it's not like you guys have better games.
They're going to pick Connect 2 over this.
No, they're not.
Me, I have a pretty good game myself. Watch this. All right, y'all ready to play some Sploot?
Sploot?
Yeah, I play this game all the time. It's very simple. All you need is some popsicle sticks, string, a cup full of ping pong balls, and let me use your dice. So you roll the dice, and whatever it lands on, that's how many popsicle sticks you pick up. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Green equals 1, blue equals 2, yellow equals 3, red equals 4, I think, orange equals 5, and I think that's all the colors.
So if you roll a 6, what happens?
Oh, you lose automatically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what's the numbers mean?
Oh, that's how many balls you have to pick up in the cup. You can't let the balls fall, or you gotta tie your hands up and go in the corner like a bad boy.
Okay.
This sounds really hard.
Oh, it's not that hard. Watch this. Lucky dice. Oh, 3! Okay. Got me the blue one. Damn. Oh, I gotta tie my hands up. I'm such a bad guy.
I don't want to play this.
You don't like my game?
It seems really difficult.
It's not that difficult. I just don't want to put my ass on your twister board. That was a loser game.
Oh, come on. That was great.
Hold on, guys. Jeffy's calling for us. Let's go downstairs and see if he created a game. So, Jeffy, what's the game made?
Whoa! My game is Jeffyopoly.
Whoa, you made this yourself?
Yep, I drew the pictures all by myself.
I find that very hard to believe. I think a factory in China may have been involved.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Okay, so, like, is this based off the game that McDonald's used to have on their cups?
What?
Is this the game that McDonald's used to, like, have on their cups?
You mean Monopoly?
Yeah.
But, I mean, McDonald's didn't invent Monopoly.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't.
They invented cheeseburgers.
They didn't invent cheeseburgers.
Oh, okay. You don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Oh, so how do you play this game? Is it like just like regular McDonald's Monopoly?
Well, it's like regular Monopoly, and I even got you guys' pieces too. So right there is Cody's glasses, there's my helmet, Junior, there's your bib, and then Joseph, there's your basketball.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we have our own pieces. That's so cool.
Yep, and since it's my game, I automatically get to start with 5 properties. Read it in queef. I have the classroom, I have my bicycle, I have the SML store, I have Goodman's Bank, and then I have my skateboard, because you can't keep me off that bitch.
Oh yeah, you're always riding that thing.
You're always riding a skateboard.
Yep, so since it's also my game, I get to go first too. So let's see. Alright, I got 11. I'll move my piece. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Summer school. I want to buy it.
Okay, here's your summer school property. That's way more than what it was.
I got it like that, bitch.
Okay, well, it is your game.
All right, my turn. I'm gonna roll. Ooh, I got a 6. Okay.
You're not counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got it.
That is Jeffy's pool.
Nope.
I want to buy it.
Do you want piss in it or not?
All right, I just bought Jeffy's pool.
Oh, watch this turn, dude. Oh, 4? That's pussy. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? School supplies? I don't care about school, dude.
You have to pay $200.
Oh, bro, it's a conspiracy.
All right, Cody, your turn.
Okay. That's, yeah, that's what, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. So could you move me 7, please? I can't reach it.
No. If I have to touch your piece and you lose your turn, it's automatically my turn again.
Okay.
Dang.
Well, that's your game.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't want to touch your piece, then.
I can't. It's way over there.
Alright, 10.
That's doubles. Don't you go to jail?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red couch, I want it.
Here's your red couch.
Bread factory, bitch.
I think I'm winning.
So is it my turn again?
Yes.
Where is the dice? Okay.
That was not a good roll.
I got a 7.
7.
Shouldn't count as a roll.
And you moved Cody's glasses.
What?
Are you going to jail, buddy?
Just pick it up.
All right, I land on clown school. I want to buy it.
Here you go.
All right, Cody, can you grab the money from me?
It's way over there again. I can't reach it.
Then I'll just pay later,
Oh, okay.
like a credit card.
My roll. Ooh, what's that? 8? Okay, that's way better than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot long bangers. Sign me up, please.
Okay, let me find that.
Yeah, find it, Cody.
That's hold on. Got a lot of properties are not very organized. Oh, there it is. Oh, bangers.
Yeah, pay for it, Dizzle.
Oh, I gotta pay for real?
Yeah, it's kind of how the game works. A lot of money involved.
Big time, man. 500.
Okay, that's again not what it costs. I think I am winning. I don't know why everybody's paying me.
You should give him change.
Yeah, asshole.
Look at all the money you have, banker.
There's so much. I don't.
Cody, do your turn.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. I'll pay later. Okay, fine. That's again, I can't reach it.
All right, you lose your turn.
Okay, I think I see where this is going.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want Goodman E. cheese.
Okay, that's
And I'll provide the cheddar.
There you go.
Actually, no, I don't feel like paying for this one, so I think I'm gonna keep it.
That's fine. I have enough money.
Then it's also his game. He can make.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
can. That's true. It's got his name on it.
All right, give me that. That is
Six.
that's 6. Okay.
It's 2 3s. That makes 6.
That boy genius.
3 is half of 6.
No, okay, I see where you're going. You're being a smart ass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one's that one?
That's military school.
Ooh, I want to buy it.
That's right here. Yeah, there you go.
All right, how much was that one?
That one was it's $200.
Okay.
Good enough. All right, got it.
I can't grab it.
That's okay. I mean, I don't think anybody's ever paid for anything. So.
I got it. 8. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The classroom?
No, it's military.
You owe me a shit. You owe me all your money.
No! That's not how we play.
I like this game. I just won.
No, not really, because I think eeny, meeny, miny, I win. So everyone give me all your shit.
That's his game. It's got his name and his face on it.
Alright, class, this upcoming week is spring break. Woo! And I'm going down to Miami to see girls pull their hoo-hoos out. And I'm gonna motorboat them too, like. like goddamn Captain Crunch. So we're gonna go around the room and everyone's gonna tell me what they're gonna be doing for spring break. Starting with you, Penelope.
My dad's taking me to Atlanta for spring break to see the Coca-Cola Museum again.
Aw, you have a dad that actually cares and want to spend time with you. Boo-hoo. I'm gonna be all alone for spring break because I don't have a family.
Oh, I'm doing nothing for spring break because my dad says we're poor.
Ahem. I think you guys are gonna want to hear this. My parents are taking me to Disneyland.
Okay.
In Japan.
Japan?
Yep, Japan. We bombed the shit out of them. Maybe you've heard of it.
What, they have Disney in Japan?
They have Disney all over the place, Junior.
Dude, why would you go all the way to Japan to go to Disneyland when we have a Disney World here in Florida where we live? That's so stupid. White people in there wasting money habits.
Oh, Cody, please, can I go to Japan with you guys?
Junior, it's kind of a crazy ask to tag along on a trip like that.
Oh, come on, I promise. I won't make any noise. I won't bother anyone. I just really want to go to Japan. I want to go to Super Marvin World.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too, but Junior, I don't know. My parents don't really like me having friends. They want it to just be a family trip.
Oh, come on, can you at least ask? It won't hurt to ask.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll ask if you can come over for dinner, and then we can ask them then. But you have to be on your best behavior and make a good impression. And if they're in a good mood, then we can ask if you can come on the trip.
Okay, yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
But is your dad even gonna let you go to Japan?
Oh, my dad will definitely let me go to Japan. I'll ask him, I promise.
Okay, but we leave tomorrow, so tonight's our only chance to ask.
Okay, I will ask my dad, and you will let me know if I can go to dinner.
Okay.
Hey, Dad.
What do you want, Junior? You better not be asking to go anywhere for spring break. You already know I spent all my money on this astronaut helmet used in the first moon landing and signed by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin.
I know, Dad. You won't stop talking about it.
Mm-hmm. So what the hell do you want? And why are you bothering me?
Well, Dad, since you're not taking me anywhere for spring break...
Right, you're smart.
I was wondering if maybe I could go with my friend and his family to Japan.
To Japan? What the hell is wrong with you? No, you can't go to Japan. Do you know what's right next to Japan? North fucking Korea. And what are you gonna do if they start bombing shit?
What? North Korea's not gonna bomb Japan, Dad.
Look, those missiles can't hit the US, but it can definitely hit Tokyo, and Goku can't save your ass.
That would never happen, Dad. It can't happen.
Look, the Titanic wasn't supposed to sink, and now that motherfucker sunk, and it's under the damn water.
I know, Dad, but that was a ship and it hit an iceberg.
Look, you can't go to Japan, okay? You better be in this damn house, depressed as hell, sad as fuck, and you better not leave your room, you got me?
Okay, Dad.
Mm-hmm. Wait, come back. Kiss that damn helmet.
I hate kissing.
Yeah, show some respect. So, why your ass so sad? I know. Your daddy told me the dumbass question you asked him. Boy, your ass goofy as hell for that. Like, why did you even ask? It's not like your dad notices you're there anyway, or that you exist. I would have been in Japan right now, partying it up with my friends, eating all types of ramen and wagyu and konnichiwa into all types of Asian women. But nope, your ass is in bed, sad as hell. And guess what? Your daddy paid me fucking $10 to keep an eye on your sad ass. So all I gotta do is walk upstairs, make sure you crying about once or twice a day. Oh, I can't go nowhere, I can't konnichiwa to nobody. And then walk back downstairs, and I get paid and just relax. Sucks to be you. Just try not to cry too much on the damn bed. Here's an apple, sad boy. Try not to feel too bad, Junior. There's always next spring break. Goofy ass, whiny ass, sad ass, crybaby ass, boy. Hey Junior, I feel really bad for not taking you anywhere for spring break. You can go to Japan with your friends.
What? Really, Dad?
Nah, just me, nigga.
I hate you, Chef BB! I hate you! God, I hate my life. My phone's ringing. Hello?
Hey, good news, Junior. My parents said you can come over for dinner, but you have to be on your best behavior if you want any chance of going to Japan. No making fat jokes about my mom.
I can't go to Japan. My dad already said no.
Oh, well, you can still come to dinner, though, right?
No, because my dad said I can't leave my room for a week.
What, Junior, now you have to come to dinner. My parents are gonna think I was lying, and I might not be able to go to Japan.
Why?
Because lying's a big no-no in my house, Junior, so you better get your ass over here.
Well, I can't leave the room because Chef Pee-Pee is supposed to watch me. My dad's paying Chef Pee-Pee to make sure I don't leave my room.
Junior, it doesn't matter. Even if Chef Pee-Pee notices you're missing, he's not gonna tell your dad, or he might get in trouble.
Wait a minute, you're right. If I leave, Chef Pee-Pee's not gonna tell my dad I left because then Chef Pee-Pee will get in trouble. Wait a minute, that means I can still possibly go to Japan. Because if I just leave for the week, Chef Pee-Pee's not gonna tell my dad I'm gone for a week. You know what? Yeah, I'm coming to the dinner. I'm gonna be on my best behavior, and I'm going to Japan with you. Okay, Cody?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right, I'm gonna sneak out my window, and I'm gonna leave my phone.
Special delivery for one, Mr. Whiny ass crybaby boy. You got a sign for your Kleenexes, crybaby ass. Whoever ordered this did same day delivery. They must really care so you won't get all your tears and your damn pillows and stuff. Wait, Junior? What the hell are you? Oh, I know what you're doing. You're trying to play hide and seek, aren't you? That's too much fun. Your ass supposed to be sad. All right, cry a little bit so I can find you. Or do Marco Crybaby. Marco! Crybaby. Fuck it. Oh, I found your phone, Junior. I guess I'm gonna take it. Wait, Cody?
Hello?
Wait, Cody, why are you on the phone?
Chef Pee-Pee? Oh, I guess I forgot to hang up.
Wait, where's Junior?
Oh, he came over to my house so he can go to Japan with me.
What the fuck? Japan? No, he's not going to Japan. You better tell him that his dad's gonna ground him.
Well, he would if he found out, but you're not gonna tell him or else you're gonna get in trouble.
Oh, you smart ass bastard. Oh, you know what? You better tell him I'm coming over there to drag his ass back in this bed so he can be sad all damn day and be depressed. Oh, I'm coming for your ass, Junior!
There you go. Does anybody want some more sauerkraut?
Ooh, me, baby. One more scoop will get me hard.
Clear your plate first.
Oh, watch me clear this damn plate.
Well, Cody's friend, we're happy to have you over for dinner.
Yeah, but we don't waste no food over here, so you better eat every bite on that damn plate.
It smells like shit. I mean, I don't know what this is.
It's sauerkraut.
America's favorite meal. See, it's good for your intestines and your asshole, especially your sphincter, so it's not too tight.
I've never had sauerkraut.
Are you serious, boy? Are you poor?
You've never had sauerkraut?
No, I've never had it.
Have you even lived if you haven't had sauerkraut?
Right? Look, the first bite is pretty damn disgusting. The second bite is egregious, but you learn to taste it and enjoy it.
Oh, okay, I guess I'll try it.
Yeah. See, when you gag, that's how I know you like it.
Yeah, first time crowd is, am I right?
Right? Such a virgin.
I'm not gonna eat any of this.
What the hell did you just say? My baby did not slave in the damn kitchen for you to not eat that food.
Junior, eat the fucking crowd if you want to go to Japan.
I'm just joking. I love it. I loved it so much. April Fools.
This nigga hilarious. I like him.
I always do April Fools a week after too.
Yeah, that's how a pregnancy test work too.
Okay, I'll try to eat as much as I can.
Yeah, take another bite, boy.
So I have to eat all of it?
Oh, clear your whole plate. We got plenty more.
Yeah. I love me some kraut, goddammit. Ooh, baby, I am stuffed. I'm about to pop like a sauerkraut balloon.
It was good. Yeah, did yourself, Mom. That's some good kraut. Oh, how you doing, Cody's friend?
I feel like I'm gonna die.
Hell yeah, that's the spirit. That's what good kraut will do to your ass.
So 1 second.
Ooh, baby, you know I want some seconds. Go ahead and crap my ass up.
Now, Tyrone, don't be rude. We have a guest, so we should serve him first.
No, I want first. You know the top kraut is the best.
Okay, how many scoops do you want?
I'm too full. I don't want any more kraut.
Oh, don't be silly. You can always have more kraut. Just tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Look at him being funny again. Goddamn comedian.
No, stop, please.
White Kevin Hart.
Funny, Kevin.
Dear God, stop.
The more he says it, the funnier it gets. Just remember, you gotta eat all of that.
Stop.
Yeah.
Fucking stop.
No, baby. You know I'm gonna get jealous. Don't give him all the good stuff.
You're right. I'm gonna have to cut you off there, you little pig.
Okay, cut me off.
He's so silly.
You silly as hell for thinking you can out-kraut me. I'm the top crowder, nigga. The master crowder. I invented this kraut life. You're a rookie in this shit.
It's true. He's won 2 sauerkraut eating contests.
Mm-hmm. And threw up right afterwards like a real pro would.
Is there...
You okay? You just ate the damn kraut,
I'm
what?
trying because I can't eat it.
He just loves it so much.
Yeah, it's good as hell.
Is there any way I can put this in a to-go box and bring it to Tokyo?
What the fuck are you talking about? Mom, you said that we could go to Disneyland in Japan? Oh, Cody, you know I was tripping balls on acid when I said that. You know not to listen to me when I'm tripping balls on acid.
Come on, Cody. We said we were gonna rent Disney movies and watch Toy Story in Japanese to see if they had slant eyes.
Wait, so y'all aren't going to Tokyo to go to Disneyland for spring break?
No, we could never afford that.
I mean, I invented the scrub, nigga, but damn, that's an expensive trip. Eat the damn crap, boy. You wasting it. Oh, I can't believe that stupid brat thought he was gonna get me in trouble? Chef Pee-Pee? Oh, hell nah. I'm gonna teach him a lesson.
Oh, there's someone at the door. Hello?
Yes, is there an orange-haired brat here with horns?
Oh yeah, he's eating all our sauerkraut.
What the hell?
Yeah, he's like a little garbage disposal for sauerkraut. A little sauerkraut monster. I remember when I was 15.
Well, we don't have time for your damn story. Where's that orange-haired brat?
Cody's friend. There's a chef here.
Chef, baby! You're here. Thank God fucking save me. Get me the fuck out of here.
What's wrong with you?
These people are fucking disgusting, but throw the fuck up, please. I'm gonna die.
Well, you're talking too damn fast.
Get me out of here.
Hey, it's really rude to just eat all our sauerkraut and leave like that without saying thank you. You're not welcome here anymore. Cody, your friend was very rude. He ate a whole plate of kraut and then he just left without saying thank you.
Wow, so fucking rude. I thought we were family. Look, he made me laugh too.
Cody, because you brought him over here, you don't get any kraut for a week. Oh, but Mom, I love my kraut.
Shit, more kraut for me. Get in that bed, boy. How dare you trying to get me in trouble by sneaking out of the house?
I'm sorry, Chef, baby. I learned my lesson. They made me eat so much awful shit. It's so much I'm gonna throw up.
Really? What did they make you eat?
Sauerkraut.
Wow, that sounds so depressing, Junior. I'm sorry. Well, let me go get something to get that taste out of your mouth.
Please, anything you cook will be better than what they had.
Here you go, fuck boy. Chow down.
Yeah.
So, guys, what do you want to do today?
You guys want to go to the movies and watch Gladiator 2?
Oh, Cody, I haven't even seen the first one or heard of it.
Wait, you never even heard of Gladiator?
No, I don't like watching old black and white movies.
It's not black and white, it's from like 2000.
It took them 25 years to make a sequel.
Well, yeah, but the last one was good and this one's gonna be good too. It's got shirtless hunky guys fighting.
If the first one was good, it wouldn't have taken 25 years to make a sequel, unless you're Pixar with Incredibles.
Right?
Well, look, guys, trust me, it's gonna be cool.
Is there any actors that we know?
Well, it's got Denzel Washington in it.
Ooh, Denzel Washington. Is he the equalizer in this movie?
No, he's not the equalizer in Ancient Rome.
So the movie is in black and white. You said ancient.
What? No, it's not black and white, it's color.
Oh, come on, Cody. You know better than to say that word, color.
Yeah, you don't say the word colored anymore, Cody. That's a racist term.
Yeah, we're not in the 1960s.
That's not what I said.
You said the movie's colored because it has Denzel Washington in it. One black guy.
What? No, that's not what I meant. I just meant it has the full spectrum of colors.
Oh, it's one of those LGBTQ movies?
Nah, this too woke for me, bro.
Yeah, you said it has the full spectrum of colors and spectrum, so Denzel Washington plays a gay, autistic black guy?
What? No, I just mean it's not black and white.
I mean, there's obviously no segregation in the movie because it has Denzel Washington in it.
Right.
Well, no, guys, do you want to see the movie or not?
I definitely want to see Denzel Washington try to play an autistic, gay black guy.
Hell yeah. He has the range, dude.
Yeah, he's the only actor that could do that.
I don't know about that. They got Robert Downey Jr.
Tropic Thunder, he played that.
Hell yeah, he was awesome in Tropic Thunder.
Okay, I don't want to see the movie.
No, we want to go see it. Come on, I want to go see Denzel Washington play this role. Oh man, guys, I can't wait to watch Denzel Washington be an autistic gay guy.
I know, dude. This should be his best role yet.
Let me get some popcorn. You want anything?
I want some jujubes.
Oh!
Cody, stop saying racist stuff.
Well, it's not racist, it's candy.
Come on, dude. I'm not even Jewish and that's offensive. Nor B.
Harold, I'm so excited to see Denzel Washington in that new motion picture screen.
I hear he's hung like a horse.
Oh, I bet he is. That old hunky sack of shit. Every time Denzel Washington's on the screen, I want you to hand me a wad of paper towels so I don't stain the seat.
But you already stained the seat.
I'm like Gary the Snail in this bitch.
Talking old people.
I know, dude. They always ruin the movie.
Harold, look right there. There's Denzel Washington right there.
Oh my God, it's Denzel!
I'm gonna see if I can get a picture with him. Excuse me, Mr. Denzel Washington.
What?
The guy sitting right next to you, Denzel Washington, right?
No, that's my friend Joseph. I know he's black, but he's not as old as Denzel.
Appreciate the compliment, though.
Oh, I get it. He's on the cover because this is new movie premiere.
No, this is my boyfriend, not Denzel Washington.
Well, you mind if I get a picture with Denzel Washington?
You know what? Sure, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey, Mr. Washington. You're making it like a waterfall between my thighs.
It's true, I can smell it.
Okay, say cheese.
I ain't got no teeth.
I used to be a cock.
Okay, I took it.
All right, upload that on the Book of Faces for me.
Okay, I'll do that.
Oh, I'm so excited. I got a picture with Mr. Washington.
Oh, yeah.
They didn't have any popcorn.
Oh, the theater ran out of popcorn?
Well, I got the popcorn and then I dropped it walking up the stairs and I don't have any more money.
Yeah, well, Junior, something really weird just happened.
What?
Those old people think Ken is Denzel Washington.
But he's white.
I know, but now that I'm really looking at it, I can kind of see it in the smile.
Yeah, he has Denzel's smile.
Bro, are y'all blind as hell? He does not look like Denzel at all. Maybe Tom Cruise.
Excuse me, Mr. Washington? My husband would love if he could watch us bang.
Okay, I think we need to go.
No, that's Denzel, ain't it?
Come on,
Let's
guys.
go.
Oh,
See, Denzel, I was holding in that queef the whole time.
Well, guys, that was a waste of time.
Yeah, dude, I can't believe those old people thought Ken looked like Denzel Washington.
I don't know, I can kind of see it though, like especially in the smile.
Yeah, the smile.
What the hell is wrong with y'all? He looks nothing like Denzel. I look more like Denzel than anybody.
I
The
don't know.
face.
And the smile.
Yeah.
Man, look at this. This is Denzel Washington. He looks nothing like Ken.
I don't know. Now that I'm really looking at it, it looks like Ken.
Yeah, like the cheekbones, the eyebrows, the nose, the ear. It looks all like Ken.
No, the hell it doesn't. Look at the lips. Oh, nothing like Ken. Look at me.
Yeah, it looks definitely like Ken. That's it.
Yeah.
There's someone at the door. Hold on, guys. You keep arguing. I'll answer the door.
I'll maybe give you the skin tone.
Bro, it's more than that. Way more.
Hello?
Hey there, is my client Denzel Washington here?
No.
Well, don't lie to me, son. TMZ took this photo of you and your friends entering the house with Denzel.
Who got that photo?
TMZ, the paparazzi's outside.
Where's Denzel?
He's inside.
Sweet.
So tell me where Denzel is. I have to talk to him about all the movies he has coming out.
Well, I guess if that's really Denzel Washington, then he's upstairs on my couch.
Thank you.
Who's at the door, Junior?
Oh, thank God, Denzel. I was looking all over for you.
Jesus Christ, this has to be the worst fucking nightmare ever.
Denzel, stop looking at pictures of yourself. We have movie roles to discuss.
Ooh, what movies is Denzel gonna be in?
Well, I can't talk about that with you guys. Not unless Denzel says it's okay. What do you say, Denzel?
Denzel says it's fine.
Okay, good. Well, first of all, they want to start work on a new Equalizer movie.
Oh, I love the Equalizer movies.
And then after that, they want to do a sequel to Remember the Titans called Remember the Titans 2. We Forgot the Titans. And then Remember the Titans 3. Those guys look familiar. And then Remember the Titans 4. Oh yeah, those are the Titans. And then Remember the Titans 5. Okay, we get it. We know who the Titans are. And then Remember the Titans 6. Christmas with the Titans. And then, of course, the prequel movie, Titans to Remember. And they also want to do a TV series called Kicking It with the Titans.
Oh, that would be really awesome. I always want another Remember the Titans movie.
Okay, Denzel, come on. We gotta get you down to the studio to work on the Equalizer.
There's no way in hell that y'all think that Ken is fucking Denzel Washington.
Well, can I come with him? I'm kind of his boyfriend.
Oh, I didn't know Denzel was gay, but whatever.
I want to come too because I like watching Equalizer movies.
Okay.
Seriously?
Oh man, Joseph, you missed the movie set. It was so cool watching him film action scenes.
What did he do? Stand in one place?
Yes.
Well, they got CGI and stuff, so it looks really cool.
Bro, he doesn't look like Denzel. This is a waste of a movie.
No, after I saw Ken's acting skills, I truly think he's Denzel Washington.
I didn't realize I was dating Denzel Washington this whole time.
Bro, he's a freaking doll. He's not Denzel Washington.
He's not at all, Joseph. He's Denzel Washington.
Okay, watch, Joseph. They gave us an early release of the trailer, so you have to watch him act. Look at this. Wait, before I click play. Is Denzel Washington the black guy in the old Allstate commercials?
No,
dude.
Are you sure he was like, Allstate stands, are you good heads?
No, I know.
That wasn't Denzel Washington.
No, that's
Not at all,
that's
dude.
not him.
There's some other black dude.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's 3,500. I'm 30,000 short. Hey man, Giodi, where's my money?
Right here, boss.
Really? It's all there. $30,000 is in that thing.
It's all there.
Okay, let me see it.
You sure you want to see it?
It's just money, yeah.
Okay, your funeral.
Okay, well now I'm not too sure I want you to open it, because you said it's gonna be my funeral and that sounds bad.
Too late.
The Equalizer! 4! Don't shoot me! I'll free the hostages, I swear!
I'm glad to be back on the good side. No, please! I'm sorry for killing your grandmother!
Joseph, wasn't that the sickest movie you've ever seen?
Dude, I can't believe y'all really think Ken looks like Denzel Washington. This is a waste of time. I would never get that time back for watching this stupid ass movie. I'm out of here, dude.
He's just jealous because he's not dating Denzel Washington.
Wait a minute, Cody, I have an idea.
Yeah?
Since everyone thinks he is Denzel Washington, that means you have access to all of Denzel Washington's money at the bank.
Oh my God, what is Denzel Washington's net worth?
Let me look it up. I just did it. It's $300 million.
$300 million? I'm dating a rich hunk.
So we could take him to the bank and withdraw money from Denzel Washington's bank account and get millions of dollars.
I don't know. I don't know if Denzel would want us to do that. He says we can! He says we can take all the money we want! Come on!
You have the best boyfriend ever! Cody, if this does not work, it'll be so embarrassing.
Shh, quiet, Junior. Blow our cover.
Thank you for choosing Goodman Bank and Trust. Denzel Washington, my man.
Oh my God, Junior, it worked.
What can I do for you, Mr. Washington? You came to look at your $300 million?
Mr. Washington lost his voice.
Oh, from all the acting.
Yes, exactly. So, he would like to withdraw some money today.
Okay, well, how much would he like to withdraw?
All of it?
I'm sorry, what was that number?
All of the money?
All $300 million?
Yes.
Okay, well, I have a box of about $30 million right here. I can box that up for you if you'd like.
That would be great.
Yeah, put it in a briefcase. That's what Mr. Washington likes his money in.
Yes.
Okay, all right, I'll put it in a briefcase and I'll give it right to you.
Oh my God, Junior.
Oh my God, Cody, look. We literally have millions and millions of dollars of Denzel Washington's money.
Oh, I love dating a rich man.
I truly believe with my entire heart that Ken is the real Denzel Washington because we walked right up into the bank, no questions asked. They just gave us all of his money from his bank account.
Yeah, of course they did. I mean, just look at him. That's Denzel Washington.
That's Denzel Washington.
Wait, is that my phone?
Your phone's ringing, Cody.
Where the hell is it?
You gotta find it. If it's your mom, you can't miss the call.
Is it in the couch cushion?
If you miss your mom's call, she's gonna make you go home.
Damn it, it's on the floor.
You missed the call, damn it.
Junior, I have a voicemail from Denzel Washington.
What, Ken doesn't have a phone.
No, so who is this?
Oh no, Cody. What if Ken's not the real Denzel Washington? And we just stole the real Denzel Washington's money and he's mad and he's calling to yell at us.
Oh no, I think we better listen to this.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches.
We did steal his money.
Huh? You can do this shit? Hey! You can do this to me?
I'm so sorry, Denzel. We thought it was...
You motherfuckers will be playing basketball in Pelican Bay when I get finished with you.
Pelican Bay?
You program, nigga.
What does that mean?
23-hour lockdown.
I don't want to go to jail.
I'm the man up in this bitch.
I'm sorry. We're really sorry.
You'll never see the light of who the fuck you think you fucking with. I'm the police. I run shit. You just live here.
Let's return the money. Let's return the money.
Yeah, this meant you better walk away. Go and walk away, because I'm going to burn this motherfucker down.
Hey, Dad, can you take me to Chuck E. Cheese?
No, Jeffy, it's 7 o'clock. They close soon.
They close at 9. If we leave right now, I have 2 hours to Chuck or Cheese.
No, it's a 30-minute drive, so you'd only have an hour and a half to Chuck or Cheese.
Well, that's enough time for both of those activities.
No, I'm not taking you tonight, Jeffy.
Daddy, if you don't take me to Chuck E. Cheese, I'm gonna pull out my pickle and play with it.
You better not, Jeffy. You don't stop. Stop squeaking that thing, Jeffy. Stop squeaking it. That's it. Give me that. Ha-ha! No more pickle for you. No more squeakage.
Well, fine. I'm gonna play with my cock.
Oh, Jeffy. Oh, stop doing that.
Marvin, can we go dancing? I want you to take me dancing. You never take me dancing.
Because I don't know how to dance. Why would I want to go do something I don't know how to do?
But Marvin, please, can we go dancing? I really want to go dancing.
We can go tomorrow.
No, Marvin, you always say tomorrow, and then tomorrow is today, and we still never go dancing.
We can go Sunday.
Marvin, you only want to go Sunday because they close early.
Oh my God, everyone stop it. Shut up.
Marvin, please.
All right, listen. Jeffy, tomorrow I'll take you to Chuck E. Cheese.
You promise?
Yes, and we can go dancing at Chuck E. Cheese.
Really?
Yeah, we can dance with Mr. Chucky and everything, and we can have fun because there's no guys or crowds or loud music or alcohol. We can just have fun dancing with Jeffy.
Thank you, Marvin. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
But the only way I'll take you guys to Chuck E. Cheese to dance and play games is if you stay quiet tonight and sit on the couch and watch TV in the quiet.
Okay.
Really? Oh, man. Now, this is relaxing. Now, this is fun.
Freeze! Give me all your valuables! This is a robbery!
What?
We don't have any valuables. We're broke.
Well, give me your necklace!
No, please. My parents gave this to me.
I don't give shit!
Oh, no.
Give me your helmet!
My helmet?
Yes, your helmet. Oh, helmet. Oh, yes.
Let this go. You getting up?
Hold on, let's go open their ears.
Right,
Their
go.
ears. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Let's get out of here! Okay!
What? Well, thank God they didn't kill us. We can still sit and watch TV.
Wait a minute, look at size of this TV! Let's take it. Grab other side. Look at
Hey! Get back here with my TV! Oh, hell no! There's no way those guys ruined my perfect quiet night! I'm gonna kill them! Hey! Hey, you get back here! Hey! My TV! Oh, I'm gonna kill them. I'm gonna find those guys, and I'm gonna kill them.
Man, I can't believe TV fit in trunk.
Well, it is Hyundai Sonata. Very roomy trunk.
I think we've robbed enough people tonight to sell the valuables and afford our honeymoon.
Bahamas, here we come.
Let's go kick some ass.
Let me suck your toes for $5. Hey man, you're getting in the way of the toe fungus.
You wouldn't happen to be able to tell me where these 2 Russian guys who robbed my house are, will you?
What are you asking?
There's these 2 Russian guys who robbed my house, so where are they at?
I don't know, but that guy might.
Pull them boobies out!
Wait, is that Monopoly money?
No, that guy wouldn't know what I was talking about.
Okay, well what about him?
Oh, that's the type of guy I'm looking for, so beat it.
Really? So soon? I usually can't do it 2 times in one day.
Hey, you.
What do you want?
There's these 2 Russian guys who robbed my house, so where are they?
I know where they are, but why would I tell you?
Yeah, that's why. That's why. Now where are they at?
I'll tell you. Just give me a second.
Tell me.
My throat. I think you broke my esophagus.
Let me get you a doctor.
Hey there, somebody call the cops?
No, I called a doctor.
Yeah, well, the strip club owner called the cops because he said somebody was beating people up and trying to suck toes.
I did beat someone up, but I wasn't trying to suck toes. That was some weird guy.
And where is he?
He left.
Yeah, of course he did. So why'd you beat this guy up?
I asked him a question and he wouldn't answer me.
Really, Marvin? This is how you talk to people? You know, this is America. He doesn't have to talk to you if he doesn't want to.
He punched me in the throat.
You punched him in the throat? Why?
Well, because he wouldn't answer my question. There was these 2 Russian guys who robbed my house and he said he knew where they were and he wouldn't tell me, so I punched him.
Marvin, why didn't you just call the cops? I could have helped you.
Well, I wanted to do it on my own like a badass.
Oh, is that why you're wearing a leather jacket? I'm assuming these are your sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He hit me over the head with a bottle.
You hit him with a bottle, Marvin?
I thought it was gonna shatter over his head and be cool like in the movies.
Well, this isn't a movie, Marvin. You could have killed him. He could have a concussion. Sir, do you want to press charges?
Yeah.
He wants to press charges, Marvin. I have to arrest you.
Oh, no, come on. Listen, in all the cool movies, the people beat up random people to get the answers they want and find out who robbed them.
Well, did he rob you?
No.
Okay, well then he doesn't owe you anything. If anything, you owe him an apology.
I'm sorry for punching you in the throat and hitting you in the head with a bottle.
Sir, do you still want to press charges? He wants to press charges. I'm gonna have to take you in, Marvin.
Oh, come on. This isn't very badass.
No, it's not. All right, Marvin, you get your 1 phone call. Make it count.
Okay. Baby, please answer.
Hello?
Baby, I'm in jail.
No. You're not getting away with that lazy shit. You didn't even dial a number. Okay, now you get your 1 phone call. Try again.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
Oh, please answer.
Hello?
Baby, I'm in jail. Please bail me out.
Marvin, where are you?
I just said I'm in jail.
Jail? Why are you in jail?
Well, you know those 2 guys that robbed us and stole your necklace and Jeffy's helmet? Well, I went and beat up some guy because he said he knew where they were.
Wait, did you get our stuff back?
No, but if you come bail me out, I can get your stuff back.
So you didn't get my necklace back?
Just come bail me out and I can get the
All right,
stuff.
time's up. Sorry.
No.
Hey, we don't have that kind of money.
All right, let's go to jail, buddy.
Oh.
All right, there you go, Marvin. Think about what you did.
I was just trying to be a badass. I was just trying to get my stuff back.
Hey, cutie. Oh, don't be frightened. It's just me, Bubbles. Hey, you looking pretty tasty. I won't bite unless you want me to.
No, I don't want you to.
Oh, you sure? You sure? I'm a little hungry for some white meat chicken. You got some legs? Ooh, or maybe do I want a thigh? Oh, now I want some penis!
Marvin, you just made bail.
Wait, I did?
Yeah, I just want to get you out of here because I don't want to see you get your cheeks clapped.
Yeah, get me out of here, please.
No, what? My white meat chicken! Bring it back! I'm hungry!
Thank God you got me out of there. I was so scared.
Yeah, you seem like you learned your lesson.
I did. I won't beat up anyone else.
Good, because the guy that you did beat up has a restraining order against you and you're not allowed within 100 yards of him.
But I need to speak to that guy. He knows where the robbers are. He knows where to find them.
Okay, well, I'll try to arrange a meeting from 100 yards away. Come on.
Okay.
All right, Marvin, you're not allowed within 100 yards of the guy, so he's all the way on the other side of this football field. But he is willing to answer your questions, so just go ahead and yell those at him.
How is he gonna hear me?
I don't know, just yell loud.
Okay. Hey, excuse me, do you know the 2 Russian guys that robbed me where they're at? What did he say?
I don't know, I can't hear him, he's 100 yards away.
Can you speak louder? What,
I got none of that.
Okay, how about you just go ask him the questions I have because this is ridiculous.
Oh, yeah, that's way easier. I'll go talk to him, okay.
Okay.
Sorry, man, we can't hear you from all the way over there. It's like 100 yards, actually 120 with end zone, so can you repeat that for me?
I ain't telling you nothing. I'm not gonna waste me breath.
Oh, come on, man, we just want to know where the robbers are, please.
Well, that's too bad. I ain't telling ye shit, even though I know where they are.
Yeah? You want to tell me now? Huh?
The Bahamas.
The Bahamas? Where?
Sleepy Beach Hotel Room 200.
Okay, see how easy that was? Maybe if you were easy to talk to, nobody would hit you in the throat.
F you bitch.
Man, Marvin, I see why you hit that guy. He is a pain in the ass, but I did get what you were looking for. They're in the Bahamas at the Sleepy Beach Hotel, room 200.
Okay, let's go. Well,
sorry, I thought we were going that way.
Okay. Oh, look! The Just Married sticker that I saw in the back of the car.
Well, that means they are here. Second floor, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, road trick, look at this view! Bahamas so pretty. I'm so glad we were able to rob enough people to afford beach view. Kiss me, you Russian pig.
Alright, Marvin, here it is, room 200.
I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna kick their ass.
Okay, but only if it's the people who really robbed you. If you beat up somebody else this time, I'm gonna have to arrest you again.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's them, but I'm gonna kick some ass. I don't see them.
What do you mean you don't see them?
They're not in the room. But look, there's my son's helmet and my wife's necklace.
Okay, great. Grab it and let's get out of here.
Okay.
Wait, you said it was two gay Russian guys, right?
I mean, I think they were gay.
Is that them?
Yeah, that's them.
Okay.
I'm gonna go kick some ass. Can you grab those two things?
But the stuff is right here. We could just leave.
I'm gonna go kick some ass. It's payback time. Did I mean to interrupt? Yes, I did.
Roderick, who is this? Did you hire a stripper?
No, did you?
No.
You took some that didn't belong to you.
I mean, we took a lot of things that did not belong to us.
Yes, that's how we afford room.
Well, don't do it again.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sure.
I'll just leave you with that.
Okay.
Psych!
Hey, you hit my husband, you piece of shit!
He hates gay people.
What? No, that's not what it is. I was.
Kick his ass!
Piece of shit!
What's going on? Help! Bring a guy! Help!
You
Oh, this is a really nice bed. Oh, yeah, I need a vacation. How do the robbers even afford a place like this? Oh, robbing people, obviously. Ooh, I wonder what's on TV. Oh, Tom and Jerry? Oh, yeah. Come on, Tom, you're never gonna catch that mouse, you silly cat. What was that? Oh, shit, Marvin! Hey, break it up, come on, break it up.
Mr. Officer, this man is homophobic piece of shit!
He hit us for no reason.
No, I hit him because they're the guys who robbed me.
Marvin, what did I say about hitting people?
I wanted payback.
Are you the guys who robbed Marvin?
Yes.
Okay, well, this is the Bahamas, and it's out of my jurisdiction, so there's not a lot I can do here. But if we take the stuff, do you agree to never rob Marvin ever again?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. See, Marvin, that's how you use your words.
Yeah, we never hit you, even when we were robbing you.
You.
Okay, I'm sorry for hitting you guys.
Okay, good. Now you two can go back to making out.
Oh, I'm going to blow you so hard.
Seriously, you can't arrest them?
Marvin, let it go. You got your shit. Let's just go home.
Okay.
Ugh, and there are bare man ass cheeks out there. We should leave.
No, there's not.
Why did you look? Oh my god, you're so gay.
Oh no, you just said that they never mind.
What, you wanted to see that?
No, I did not.
Oh, but there really are actually out there now. Why did you look again? You're so gay!
No, listen. Okay, fine. I won't ever look again because I don't even want to look at that.
Well, actually, that guy's whole penis is out.
Yeah, sure.
No, you don't want to see that? You're more of an ass man?
What? No, I...
Oh my god, and you want dick too?
Okay, that's it. Now, you can grab my stuff. You grab it.
Okay. God, you're so gay.
All right, Jeffy, here's your helmet back. And Rose, here's your necklace back.
Aw, thank you, Marvin, my necklace.
Okay, Marvin, if you ever get robbed again, just call the police.
I will. I'm just glad everything's back to normal. Plot hole goblin! What are you doing here, plot hole goblin?
There was a part of the video that didn't make sense.
What didn't make sense?
Yeah, the video was good.
How did you drive from Florida to the Bahamas? The Bahamas is an island.
You see, we drove the car onto a boat.
Yeah, a ferry.
A ferry.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it took us to the Bahamas.
Yeah, you get like as a boat. Like, how do you think they get cars to the Bahamas?
Yeah,
anyway?
yeah, there are cars on the Bahamas. How do you think they got there?
Yeah,
huh?
the ferries and ships.
That would take days.
Yeah, we didn't say how long it took.
Yeah, it was the multiple. I mean,
2 days.
Yeah, I mean, who gives a shit?
Yeah, who cares?
Yeah, right.
Fucking hate that guy.
Yeah, he used to hop off our dick. Like, I mean, we didn't even film in the Bahamas.
No, it's Pensacola Beach, obviously.
do you want to do today?
I don't know, dude. I'm bored.
Cody, why do you seem like you're the shit?
Yeah.
Whoa! Are those Toy Story Band-Aids?
Oh, they must be limited edition.
Yeah, they are.
Oh my god, where'd you get those?
Target.
Oh! Target? Wow, I didn't even know you could shop there. Those are for rich people.
Right?
Oh my god, what characters are on that?
Get Forky on that bitch.
Whoa,
Dude,
my god.
I need a Forky
Go
one.
Can we please open up the Band-Aid so we get Forky?
Please?
And waste one of my Toy Story Band-Aids? I don't think so.
Oh my god, how can we get one?
Do you have a boo-boo?
No, I don't have a boo-boo.
No.
What about an owie?
No, I don't have an
How
owie.
many owies?
Sorry, no owie, no Band-Aid.
Okay, well, we gotta think of a way to get a boo-boo or an owie so we can get a Band-Aid.
Yeah, dude.
You could scrape your shit on the concrete outside, or you could get a paper cut, or get a mosquito bite and scratch it too hard until it bleeds.
Those all sound like they would hurt.
Yeah.
I don't want to scratch my leg on the concrete. That would burn.
Yeah, it would.
I don't want to get a paper cut because those sting.
Well, any owie's gonna hurt, that's why it's called an owie.
And falling down the stairs would be painful as hell, dude.
He didn't suggest that.
No, you can't put a Band-Aid on a concussion.
I was thinking of some painful stuff.
I guess the mosquito bite's the best one, but how am I going to catch a mosquito and get him to bite me?
Junior, we live in Florida. Let's just walk outside and let them bite us.
Oh, good idea! Whoever gets the most mosquito bites win!
Oh, it's gonna be me!
They love me.
So where are these mosquitoes at?
Oh, dude, they're everywhere, and they're gonna bite the shit out of me. They love black people.
Cody, why do you have your shirt off?
Oh, I'm just trying to maximize the mosquito bite area, but they're gonna have to bite pretty hard if they want to get through my abs of steel.
Oh, there's a mosquito! Oh, no, bite me, bite me, bite me!
No, bite me!
No, bite me, I caught it first!
Oh, taste
No,
it!
I want him to bite me!
No, let it
I want
bite
the
me.
biggest boo-boo ever! I want the biggest bump! Whoa! Cody, you're getting swarmed!
Yeah, they're biting the shit out of me. I'm getting bit as fuck. I should have taken my shorts off so they could bite my hog.
Oh, Cody, they're all over you!
Dude!
Come on, guys. Let's go get some fucking Toy Story Band-Aids.
Oh my god, he won!
All right?
Whoa, Cody, you got ate up.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, like an all-you-can-eat sauerkraut buffet. Helen Keller could read my ass right now. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna take a selfie. Hashtag itchy as fuck. Hashtag Lilo and Itch. Oh man, this is really itchy though.
Well, we can open up the Toy Story Band-Aids now.
Whoa, hey, don't touch that box. That's for Itchy McGee over here. but you guys can open one each, because I think I'm gonna need a lot of Band-Aids. This is really starting to hurt.
All right, Joseph, let's open up Band-Aids, see if we get Forky.
Oh, yeah, dude, I need Forky.
Please hurry.
Oh, dude, I got the alien one.
I got Forky, I got Forky!
Wait, I want Forky!
I won!
I should've got it.
Hey, I don't really give a fuck anymore, guys. Just put the Band-Aids on.
Okay, where do you want me to put it?
Right here, in this really big one I got on my armpit. That's the one. That's the one I really notice.
Oh, okay, can you do it for me? I don't really want to touch you.
Fuck yeah. There we go. Sticky as fuck. There we go. Oh, that didn't really fucking help a lot.
So what do you want the second one, dude?
Oh man, just anywhere. Doesn't matter. Guys, I can't turn my neck.
Oh, okay, how you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty fucking nauseous, guys. Woo.
Oh, damn.
Do we call a doctor?
Should I still put the Band-Aid on?
Yeah, put on his forehead right there. So, Cody's that feeling better?
You look better.
Yeah, buddy, cheer up. Maybe we should call a doctor.
Yeah, I probably should.
But let's open all the Band-Aids up first.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Oh, Joseph, look at all the characters!
I know, dude. It's so sick. Look, I'm gonna have to keep some for myself. Fuck Cody.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor? Oh my god, are those Toy Story Band-Aids?
They sure are.
Oh, sick. Is that Mr. Potato Head?
Yup.
Oh, sick. Is that Forky?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sick. Sorry, I'm sick. Hey, you know what else is sick? U2s. Yeah, not like the band though. No. You remember when Apple forced everybody to get a U2 album just downloaded directly to their phone? Like, no thank you. Nobody wants that. I would actually pay for you to take that off of my phone. Yeah, no, nobody likes U2. I actually almost switched to an Android because of that. I just couldn't deal with the green bubble though. No. Every time I get a text with a green bubble, I think they're texting me from prison. Because why else would there be a green bubble, you know? Just couldn't do it. Oh, yeah, anyway, U2s! Check this out! It's Chef PPP and Peas! How cool is that?
Chef PPP and Peas!
No way.
And look at this! It's a Marvin and Jeffy monitor buddy! They just sit on top of your monitor and they stare at you while you do what you do on your computer. I mean, I wouldn't want anybody staring at me while I do what I do on my computer. Wee time. But hey, these are pretty cool. You should go buy them.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Alright, so what's up with your friend?
Well, Doctor, he...
Oh no! Quick, cover him up! There's a bunch of snipers in here! Fuck I'm funny. You see, because it looks like lasers, like from a sniper. I mean, obviously not that many snipers could hide in here, but hey, hide your cats, right? Guess the cats, they chase the lasers. Oh, God, I am so fucking funny. Well, what's going on with your friend?
So we wanted to be able to use the Toy Story Band-Aid.
No, understandably.
So we went outside to see who get bit by the most mosquitoes.
Well, I think I know who won. Well, this should be pretty easy to diagnose. He probably has any number of diseases you get from mosquitoes. Like it could be malaria or dengue or Zika or yellow fever.
Well, he definitely was gay, so it could be the dengue one.
I mean, it could be all kinds of stuff.
So how do you test which one it was?
Well, I'd have to do a spinal tap by shoving this big-ass needle right in his spine and then taking out some spinal fluid.
Oh, do it!
Okay. Fuck. Really in there. See, get that juice out.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty rough.
Yeah.
What is that flavor? Is that malaria? Hold on.
Not strawberry.
Go back to that. Could be yellow fever. It's kind of a tang, kind of a yellow fever tang. Hold on. Oh, no, that is chikungunya.
What's chikungunya?
Chikungunya beef for dinner tonight. No, really though, that is West Nile virus.
West Nile virus? Is he gonna be okay?
No, his organs are gonna start shutting down, so we're gonna have to get him to the hospital and put him on life support. Come on, buckaroo.
See you later, Cody.
Sweet dreams.
Best wishes.
Well, Doctor, he's stable, but he's in a coma.
Okay, I notified the family.
Oh, when will they be here?
Where's that bitch ass boy at?
I think that's them.
Where's my sick ass son running up doctor's bills like we got money and shit? Hey, get your fake ass up. You know we ain't got no money. Get your ass up.
Yeah, doctor, why is he being such a pussy-ass bitch?
Well, ma'am, your son was bitten by a bunch of mosquitoes. So, my niece got bit in the face by a pit bull and she didn't bitch this much. But he's in a coma. He's on life support.
So pull the damn plug. We ain't got money for all this shit.
Yeah, pull that shit.
Yeah, where is it at? Is this the damn plug?
Wait, no, don't touch that. You'll kill him.
That's the goal.
No, sir, listen. We can kill him if you want to, but first his next of kin has to agree.
Okay, I am his next of kin. I'm his daddy. He came out my nutsack.
Well, let's check his will.
What the hell does the will at?
Okay, I got it right here. It says, I, Cody Nutkiss, declare that this is my last will and testament. My next of kin is Ken?
What? The gay-ass Barbie doll?
Yeah, he's got like a little G.I. Joe that he humps. Okay, so I guess we just have to ask Ken if we can kill Cody.
I'm here to say hi to Cody because I feel bad. I'm sorry you're so sick, Cody. Okay, bye.
Hey, little boy, have you seen Cody's little gay-ass doll?
Oh, yeah, it's on my couch at my house.
Well, I guess we gotta go to your couch. Come on.
Okay.
Damn it.
Okay, guys, Ken's right there.
Oh, good. This shouldn't take long. Hey there, Mr. Ken. Cody's in a coma on life support right now and we want to kill him. So all we need you to do is say yes.
You better say yes, because we ain't paying no damn hospital bills, because they gonna fall on your stupid ass.
Yeah, so what do you say, Ken?
Get to talking.
Oh, I see what's going on, Tyrone. He's trying to play hardball. Okay. Well, me and my husband are swingers.
Yeah, and I hit a home run every time.
Yeah, so if you say yes, I'll let you and my husband Eiffel Tower me.
Ooh, yeah, my baby freaky. You can't turn that down. Eiffel Tower? Bonjour, mes amis. My baby freaky. She like wee wee, so what you say?
Yeah, how about that? Oh, okay. How about 2 Eiffel Towers?
Damn, baby. Ooh, she is very generous today. 2 Eiffel Towers?
Okay. Dare I say 3 Eiffel Towers?
Ooh, what? Oh, you greedy fuck. 3 Eiffel Towers? You don't even offer me that.
Yeah, that's more than France has, huh? Okay, Tyrone, he's starting to piss me off.
I can see that, baby. He pissing me off, too. Okay. 3 Eiffel Towers?
Final offer. 3 Eiffel Towers, a Great Wall of China, and I'll let you give me an Alabama Hot Pocket.
What? Alabama Hot Pocket? You lucky ducky? Oh, but she long overdue for a Hot Pocket. Oh, come on. You better say yes.
What? Tyrone, what's wrong with me? Why would nobody want to give me an Alabama Hot Pocket?
I don't know, baby. Look, maybe he's just not into feces.
Oh, well, maybe he's gay.
You know what? That might be it. He looks gay.
Yeah, I bet he's gay. You know what? Let's take him to the doctor to see if he's even alive.
Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah, these offers should be irresistible.
Right, come on.
Doctor, I think he's getting worse.
Where is that next of kin?
Okay, doctor, we brought the doll.
Okay, who is this? Oh, this is Ken.
The gay one.
Oh, well, did he say we could kill Cody?
Nah, he's not that talkative today.
No, I offered him 3 Eiffel Towers and an Alabama Hot Pocket, and he just wouldn't budge. Really? Well, you know, we do accept other forms of payment here.
Well, how many Eiffel Towers do we need to get this plug pulled?
Let's say 5 Eiffel Towers. You've got yourself a deal. Doctor, I'm feeling a lot better now. Nurse, pull that fucking plug!
But doctor, he's awake!
I said pull it!
Okay.
Pull it, goddammit!
Ugh.
Well, we have a room in the back.
So, guys, are you ready to eat food?
Oh yeah, dude.
Who does that? Who says, so guys, are you ready to eat food before they eat food? People just eat food when they're ready to eat food. You actually told us we couldn't eat until you set up all the food and said, so guys, are you ready to eat food?
I don't know, Cody. I just wanted to narrate it in case someone's watching us.
Who could possibly be watching us eat?
Come on, go ahead and eat.
I don't think anyone's watching us eat, Cody. I just like to talk before I do stuff. Shut up.
Junior, do you really need a quadruple cheeseburger with bacon?
Do you really need to wear glasses?
Well, yes, actually. A doctor told me I have to wear these.
Well, a doctor told me I need to eat this quadruple cheeseburger.
I highly doubt that. Actually, I bet a doctor would tell you not to eat that.
Well, do you really need 6 corn dogs?
Okay, listen. How many holes does the male human body have?
Not 6.
Oh yeah? Count with me. 2 ear holes, 2 nose holes,
A mouth.
and...
Ew, oh.
Yeah, exactly. Only one of these is for eating.
Okay, let's just hurry up and eat, guys, so we can do other stuff.
Okay.
Tater tots.
Oh, I'm so full.
Me too.
Dude, too many tater tots and mozzie sticks.
I ate the entire quadruple cheeseburger.
My ass.
Oh. You guys want to go swimming?
Dude, what the hell's wrong with you?
Junior, it's dark outside.
My pool is lit up, Cody.
Dude, it's October.
Well, we never went swimming one time during the summertime, so I want to swim before it gets too cold outside, so come on, guys.
Okay. Junior's being pretty gay, huh? He just wants me to take my shirt off so he can see my abs.
Yeah, that sounds like Junior.
Cowabunga!
Woohoo! Dude, I'm having so much fun!
Yeah, I love swimming in the pool. Come on, Cody, get in.
No, I should probably wait 30 minutes so I don't get a tummy cramp.
Pussy!
Yeah, Cody, that's just a myth. You don't have to wait 30 minutes after eating to swim.
But guys, my tummy, I don't want it to cramp.
You're such a crybaby, Cody.
Dude, get in, the water's fine!
Wait, Joseph, you okay?
Well, Junior, I think Joseph's drowning.
Joseph's not drowning.
I think he is.
Wait, Joseph?
Joseph?
I don't see him.
I don't see his body anywhere.
Well, it is nighttime, and he is black.
Junior, he has to be around here somewhere. Look for him.
Okay, I'll look. Joseph! Joseph, are you in here, buddy?
Joseph?
I literally don't see him. Let me get out of the pool and let's go get Chef Pee-Pee to help.
Okay, good idea. Junior, what are you doing? Just get out.
I can't get out of the pool.
What do you mean you can't get out? Just pull yourself up.
I physically cannot get out of the pool.
Junior, it's not the fucking Sims. You don't need a ladder. Just pull yourself out of the pool.
Look, I'll try. I just can't get myself up.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have had a quadruple cheeseburger with bacon.
Well, it's not the cheeseburger's fault. I just can't get out.
Maybe you're having a tummy cramp because you ate so much.
No, that's not it, Cody. Grab my arm.
Okay, fine.
Grab my arm.
Oh, Jesus, Junior, you're heavy as fuck. Maybe you shouldn't have had that quadruple cheeseburger with bacon.
It's not the cheeseburger. The pool won't let me. The pool won't let me go. Call the cops.
The cops? What are they gonna do? Arrest your pool?
Call the cops. The pool will not let me leave. Like something's pulling me in the pool. It won't let me get out.
Okay, whatever. I'll call the cops.
Call the cops. Let go of me. Let go of me, pool.
Hey there, somebody call the cops?
Yes, officer. There's a monster in the pool and he won't let me leave.
A monster in the pool? I don't see any monsters.
No, he's in the pool. He won't let me leave. See, look, I can't get out of the pool.
You know, this reminds me of a time I refused to get out of a pool.
You refused to get out of a pool?
Yeah, let me tell you about it. So when I was in high school, I was on the swim team, the girls' swim team. See, I wasn't fast enough to be on the boys' team, so I went up against the girls, and I would still come in 4th place. But I swam slow for other reasons. Anyway, one day I was in a race, and I actually wanted to win this one. I swam so fast, my swim trunks came off, and I couldn't find them. Then all the girls got out of the pool, and the coach said, "Guy, come on out." And I said, "No." And he said, "Guy, get your ass out of the pool. It's time for the boys to swim." But I didn't want to get out. I didn't want the girls' swim team to see my small, shriveled up package. So I was trying to think of a way to distract everybody. And that's when I saw Pulls the Fire Alarm Paul. He was a kid that would pull the fire alarm if you dared him to. So I said, "Hey, Paul, can you pull the fire alarm?" And he said, Yep. So Paul pulled the fire alarm and everyone started running outside. So I said, now's my chance. But then 2 firefighters came and they pulled me out of the pool and took me outside with everyone else. And the whole school saw my little shriveled up shrimp. It was the most embarrassing day of my life. And after that, none of the girls in school wanted to date me because they didn't want to be known for dating the guy with the tiny little shriveled up wiener. Everybody thought I had the tiniest wiener in school. Well, that was until Tiny Wiener Timmy transferred to our school. But that's a different story we can't animate. We could barely even animate this one.
Oh, that's a really sad story, but I really cannot get out of this pool.
Well, listen, kid, if you lost your swim trunks, I can go get you a towel so nobody has to see your tiny wiener.
No, I have my swim trunks on, look.
Oh, wow. It's gotta be really tiny if you still don't want to get out even though you're wearing swim trunks.
No, listen, the pool will not let me out. And look, my friend Joseph, he's missing.
Oh, what's he look like?
He's black.
Oh, well, you know, I mean, he was trying to swim, and I've heard things about, you know, people trying to swim when they're black. I don't know. It's a thing people say. I don't know.
Well, listen, I have not seen him since he's gotten in the pool.
Oh, well, you know, it is dark outside, so maybe we just can't see him right now.
That's what I thought. But listen, can you just help me get out of the pool?
Okay, I'll just pull you out.
Ugh.
Well, that was really easy.
How'd you do that?
I just used my hands and my strength.
Well, no, I kept trying to get out, and I couldn't get out. You just saved me.
Yeah, okay. Well, I suggest you stay away from this pool because you clearly don't know how it works.
Well, no, there's a monster with a face, and it was trying to eat me. I think it wouldn't let me get out.
Okay, yeah. Well, I guess I'm a hero then. Maybe they'll give me a medal for this.
What? I'm not getting this pool ever again.
1015, 1016, 1017.
Cody!
Oh, sorry, Junior. You just caught me working off those corn dogs.
No, listen, there's a monster in my pool.
No, there's not, Junior. You fucking idiot.
No, seriously, there's a monster in the pool. It grabbed my leg. It wouldn't let me go.
Then how'd you get out?
The cop got him to let me go.
So the monster listens to cops?
I don't know, but there's a monster in my pool. What do we do?
Well, I guess if there's a monster in your pool, you should just not go in the pool.
Huh. I mean, if I don't go in the pool, he can't get me.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh.
Yeah, problem solved. See, this is probably where the movie should have stopped, once they knew it was haunted.
I mean, I just don't go in the pool.
Yeah, it's that easy.
But I really like my pool. I mean, I never can go in it ever again.
Well, apparently you didn't really use your pool very often anyway. I mean, you literally just said that you haven't used it all summer, and apparently that monster's been living there for a while, and you didn't even notice. So I guess he could live there.
I guess you're right. Junior, help me. Cody, you hear that?
No.
It's Joseph! He's still alive! Joseph, I'm coming to save you!
Junior, you okay? I don't hear anything.
Junior, help me! Joseph? Junior, help me! Joseph, I'm right here! Where are you, Joseph? I don't see you! I'm in the pool! Okay, I'm gonna come in the pool and I'm gonna save you. I know there's a monster in there, but I'm gonna grab you and I'm gonna pull you out, okay? Okay, I'm coming, Joseph. I'm coming, Joseph. Where are you? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so I heard Joseph's voice, and I thought he wanted me to save him, so I ran outside, and I jumped in the pool to try to save Joseph, and I went under the water, and I saw Joseph, but it wasn't Joseph, it was the monster using Joseph to try to kill me.
Right, so just don't go in the pool.
What?
Don't go in the pool. He can only kill you if you go in the pool, so don't go in the pool.
Oh.
Yeah, it's that easy.
So if I go in the pool, I die?
Yes. Let me tell you this, Junior. If you never go in that pool ever again, this is not even a problem. It's not scary.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I can only die if I go in the pool.
Exactly. Don't go in the pool.
Joseph?
No, that's the monster trying to lure you into the pool so he can kill you.
Oh.
Not Joseph. He's already dead because he went in the pool, so don't go in the pool.
But Joseph's voice is so annoying.
Yeah? Well, you know what's even more annoying? Getting killed in your pool. And you know what else is annoying? All this trash. Help me clean it up.
Okay, I'll help you clean it up.
Jesus, what if we have company? They're gonna think you're a barbarian.
Yeah.
Hey, Junior. Guess which one of these corn dog sticks was in my ass?
Which one?
The one that smells like shit.
Which one is that?
Sniff around and find out.
No.
That has residue to it.
No.
That one. Okay, good. Now that we cleaned up all that trash and all those doo-doo covered corn dog sticks, why is my ass so dirty? Anyway, now that we're done with that, we can go back to not going in the pool. Which is very easy.
Well, what if one day I want to throw a pool party?
Well, don't. Do it in a different pool. There are a lot of other pools out there. Just use those.
Well, my dad spent a lot of money on that pool, so, like, I mean, maybe we should use it.
See, this is why people in horror movies die, because they don't avoid the thing they know kills them. Like in The Ring, where there's that tape that kills you if you watch it, just don't watch the fucking tape. That's all you have to do. Just go about your life not watching the tape. It's not that hard. Hey, Junior, tell me there's a tape out there that'll kill me if I watch it.
Hey, Cody, there's a tape out there that'll kill you if you watch it.
Not watching that shit. I don't want to watch that. I don't want to die, so I'm not going to watch it. See how easy that was? Try to hand me the tape. Pretend you're handing me the tape that kills you.
Hey, Cody, here's a tape that if you watch it, it kills you.
I'm not touching that. I don't want anything to do with that. I don't want that. See how easy that was? See how easy? It's like when you're on Facebook and there's like those covered videos. It's like, oh, it might be bad. Like, don't click on it. I know whatever I'm gonna see is gonna be bad and it's gonna be fucked up and it's gonna make me sad, so I'm not gonna click on it. It's very easy. Like, Junior, tell me I'm gonna die if I look at you.
You're gonna die if you look at me.
Sorry, Junior, not gonna look at you anymore. See how easy that was?
Well, you would die right now because you looked at me.
Okay, well, that was an example. Do you want me to continue not looking at you?
No. Listen, can you just Google, like, why my pool would be haunted?
Me? Google? Why can't you Google it yourself?
I'm scared. Everything scared me. I saw a face underwater that tried to kill me.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, fine. Why is my pool haunted? Well, it says it might be haunted if somebody died in your pool.
You think someone drowned in it a long time ago and now the ghost is trying to make other people drown?
I don't know. That sounds fine. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so how would you kill the monster in my pool?
I don't know, and I don't fucking care.
No, seriously, Cody, if there was a monster in your pool, how would you kill it?
Okay, I guess I would electrocute it. I would toss a toaster in there.
If I toss a toaster in, it'll kill the monster?
Yes, but you would have to get close to the pool, which I specifically told you not to do.
I'm gonna go do it.
Okay, good luck.
Hey, monster! Wanna kill me? How about you make me some toast first?
Junior, that was so fucking gay.
What?
Well, what you said. You could have said, you're toast, not, why don't you make me some toast?
He's dead, what does it matter?
Yeah, you're right. Okay, Marvin, let's watch the NBA playoffs.
Hey, I was watching TV.
What channel's the Heat game?
Oh, Marvin, the Heat got eliminated days ago. Silly Marvin, thinking the Miami Heat can actually win basketball games. What a joke.
Marvin, I hate boys' night. I was hoping we could watch a romantic comedy together.
Shoo, get out of here. Marvin loves hanging out with me. Weekends are for the boys, right, Marvin, you bald bastard?
Hey, gang, my ball eater game is broken.
Wait, is that Pac-Man? I love Pac-Man. Let me see if I can fix it. Nope, it's broken. Go play Fortnite or something.
But I want ball eater game.
Well, ball eater game is broken.
The news!
Breaking news, okay? Miss Pac-Man is filing for a divorce from Mr. Pac-Man after 42 years of marriage. Pac-Man is depressed, so if you have a Pac-Man machine, he won't be in it because he is taking a leave of absence.
Pac-Man's going through a divorce? Poor Pac-Man.
What about poor Mrs. Pac-Man? Divorce is hard on everybody, especially the kids.
Screw all that. You know, Marvin, me and Pac-Man actually went to high school together. We were buddies. Yeah, we used to do blow in the bathrooms. I haven't talked to him since he got famous, though. But I think we should invite him over for boys' night. We should give him a night so good he forgets all about that slut.
Hey, don't call her that.
What? She is. She eats balls for a living.
So does he.
Okay, well, sometimes men have to do things we're not proud of to put food on the table, right, Marvin?
Yeah.
Right? You ever suck a dong for dinner, you know? You know, to feed your family, Marvin?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess it's just me. And I'm not proud of it, but I've done it. Back when I didn't have all my jobs.
Are you gonna call Pac-Man?
Yes, I will call him, and I'll take this out of here. I don't want him crying when he shows up. Okay, I'm calling Pac-Man.
Wagga wagga.
Hey, Pac-Man, it's me, Brooklyn guy from high school, remember?
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, I saw the news. I'm sorry your wife left you, buddy.
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, well, listen, she was no good for you anyway. You remember in high school when she ate the entire football team's balls?
Wagga wagga.
Yeah, and the basketball team, that's right.
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, I told you she was no good for you, buddy. You don't need her.
Wagga wagga. Wagga.
Yeah, I know. What she lacked in hands, she made up for with a mouth. Believe me, I know. Yeah, I even hit that a few times, too. I think I actually have the high score in that.
Wagga wagga wagga.
Yeah, I know. But listen, I think you should come over to my buddy's house, and we're gonna have a whole boys' night, okay? We're gonna play some pool, we're gonna go out to dinner, maybe hit up a strip club, huh?
Wagga 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 wagga.
No, and listen, I understand. I know you don't want to leave the house right now, but it'll be good for you, okay? If you're not having fun after 10 minutes, you can leave. Got it?
Wagga wagga wagga.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you in a minute, buddy. Alright, he's coming over. Just make sure you have some fruit laying out. He loves that. Oop, that must be him. Come on, Marvin. Hey, Pac-Man, you look great, buddy.
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
Yeah, this is my friend Marvin. This is his house.
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
He says you have a lovely home. So you want to come on in and play some pool?
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
Yeah, it has balls. You love that. Come on. All right, I'm gonna break first. Just like your wife broke your heart when she left you.
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
Oh, come on. I was just joking. But this break is no joke. Ugh, damn it. I didn't get a single one in. Okay, Pac-Man, your turn.
No.
What's he doing?
No.
He ate all my pool balls!
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
I know, buddy. It's just instinct. Listen, this is my fault. We shouldn't have played a game with balls.
He needs to buy me new pool balls now!
Marvin, he is going through a divorce. Give him a break.
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
I know. You must be hungry. Let's go to a restaurant and get some real food. Marvin, if you had just left fruit out, this wouldn't have happened. Okay, Pac-Man, whenever I'm heartbroken, I always come here to Applebee's. This always cheers me up. Now, I know you're going through a divorce right now, but I'm actually going through a pretty rough time, too. See, my Miami Heat got gentlemen swept in the playoffs because their superstar can't stop drinking coffee, and also I shot him. So I'm gonna order some chicken wonton tacos with chicken tenders to cheer myself up.
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
Yeah, sure, we can get some mashed potato balls for an appetizer.
Hello, welcome. Oh, dear God. Oh, welcome to Applebee's. What can I get started for you tonight?
Well, Clarissa, I think I'll have my usual.
You don't have a usual. You get something different every time you come here.
Well, the menu's just so big, I can't pick just one thing.
And before you get mad, we only have Pepsi products.
Oh, believe me, I remember. It's the one thing I don't like about this place. Oh, by the way, do you have any fruit? My friend here likes apples.
No, we don't.
What, you're Applebee's and you don't have any apples?
Well, we don't have bees either.
Well, you have 2 bees on your chest that I'd like to squeeze. Boo bees, am I right, Marvin? B cups? Actually, I think they're more like A cups. Right, Pac-Man? A cups?
Wagga, wagga.
You know, actually, speaking of A cup, I would like a cup of drink. Where are our beverages?
I was trying to ask you what you wanted and you never told me.
Well, we will have waters for the table. Hey, Marvin, it's free. Life hack. And also, I would like some chicken wonton tacos with chicken tenders and honey mustard and some mashed potato balls.
Is that it?
And also, I would like 2 cheeseburgers, some chicken Alfredo, some mozzie sticks, and some spinach artichoke dip.
Okay, well, who's getting what?
I don't know. Just bring it and we'll figure it out when it gets here.
Okay.
Can you believe this skank, Pac-Man? Do your job. Hey, Pac-Man, you know what? You should probably try to get her number. Me and Marvin hit that in Paris.
Wagga, wagga.
Yeah.
All right, here's your food.
No. This is all wrong. You put the food in front of the wrong people.
I asked you who gets what, and you told me not to worry about it.
Yeah, well, now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't have said that. But, I mean, look, the mashed potato balls are clearly for Pac-Man. He's Pac-Man. He loves balls.
Okay, fine. Well, I'll put these over here.
Yeah, do that. And you know I love mozzarella sticks, so clearly those are for me.
Okay, well, I'll bring these over here.
Okay, and you know I love chicken wonton tacos, too, so why are they all the way over there by Pac-Man? And I know Marvin probably wants a burger, and honestly, I don't know who the hell's gonna even eat the chicken Alfredo, so you probably just take that back.
You know what? You're a pain in my ass.
Thinking of Paris, huh?
Ah!
That's the sound she made, too. Remember, Marvin? Remember Paris?
Yes.
All right, let's dig in, boys.
Wagga, 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 wagga.
Whoa, Marvin, Pac-Man's going crazy on those mashed potato balls. You know what? I'm gonna eat without my hands, too.
Wagga, 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 wagga.
Ugh, I am stuffed.
Wagga, wagga.
What the fuck did you guys do?
We chowed down, that's what.
You guys made a mess. You didn't even use your silverware.
Yeah, well, I saw Pac-Man go in face first, and it reminded me of Paris, so I had to go in face first, too.
You ate like animals.
Well, I do like it doggy style, remember?
If you expect me to clean this up, you better give me a big tip.
Oh, you've seen it. It's not very big.
Ah!
Okay, guys, she's gone. Dine and dash to the strip club. Yeah, look at that, a stripper. That'll help you forget about your wife, right, Pac-Man?
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
Oh, come on, man. You gotta get back out there. You know, Miss Pac-Man's probably getting railed.
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
What? It's true. You know, she probably has a mouthful of Powerballs right now.
Wagga, wagga.
Marvin, help me out here.
I don't know what to say to him. I wanted to go home and watch basketball.
Marvin, there is no basketball. The heat is out. Excuse me, miss.
What?
My friend here's going through a messy divorce. You think you can help cheer him up?
How much?
How much you got, Pac-Man?
Wagga, wagga, wagga.
Oh, she took all your money?
Wagga.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Miss Pac-Man is a better game.
Wagga, wagga.
Well, do you at least think she's hot?
Wagga.
No? Okay. Well, we'll wait for the next one. Boo! Get off the stage!
Ugh, whatever.
Coming up next on stage, we have the twins.
Waka waka.
What the hell are they?
Waka waka!
Oh, you like them, Pac-Man?
Uh-huh!
Well, go get them, buddy.
Waka 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 waka.
Oh, damn. Okay. I don't know where all this cash is coming from. I thought Miss Pac-Man cleaned you out.
Waka waka waka!
Waka waka waka.
Waka waka waka.
Waka waka.
Okay.
Waka waka waka.
Hey, Pac-Man, you want to take him home?
Waka waka.
Okay, come on, Marvin, let's drive him home.
Waka 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 waka.
Waka waka waka.
Marvin, he wants to know what room he can use.
Upstairs, please! Why didn't he just take him to his house?
Marvin, you know Miss Pac-Man took the house in the divorce.
Well, why couldn't he go to your house?
Marvin, I have a daughter. I don't want her walking in on whatever he's about to do to them. But really, I don't understand how it works. I mean, he's like a ball. But anyway, let's just go hang out while he does his thing.
Waka 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 waka.
What are you doing? I thought you said we're gonna hang out.
I just want to know what it sounds like.
That's weird.
Huh, it sounds like a game of Pac-Man. Okay, I gotta get in there and see what this looks like.
No, that's weird, bruh.
Marvin, what's weird is you calling me brah. Now stand aside. I have to see what Pac-Man sex looks like. Oh my god! Oh god! Oh no! Oh god, I am so sorry I looked.
What it look like?
Oh god, he was like inside out and there were parts that I didn't even know existed and there was fruit involved? Oh Jesus, I don't even know if I can talk to him again after that. Oh.
There's someone at the door.
Oh please, let's answer it. Let's get away from here.
Hello?
Oh shit, Marvin, it's Blinky, Inky, Pinky, and Clyde!
The ghost from Pac-Man?
Yeah, the goons. Wait, what do they say? Oh shit, Marvin, they're saying those two strippers that Pac-Man is inside out with are Blinky and Clyde's girlfriends and they want to kick Pac-Man's ass! Oh no, quick, Marvin, we have to help Pac-Man!
Where are they going?
They split up to look for Pac-Man. Quick, Marvin, we have to give Pac-Man this power orb so the ghosts turn blue and he can fucking eat them.
Okay.
No, don't open that! Pac-Man, catch!
Waka 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 waka.
Oh, you're screwed, buddy.
Waka 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 waka.
Good job, Pac-Man. Now go get the other ones.
Waka 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 waka.
Okay, you got Inky. I think another one's in that room.
Waka waka waka.
There's Pinky!
Waka 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 waka.
I wonder where they go after he eats them.
The eyes run to that little box and they respawn.
Oh shit, that's right. Okay, well he has one more to eat before the Powerball wears off.
Waka waka waka.
Oh, good job, Pac-Man. You ate Clyde. You ate all the ghosts.
Waka waka.
Yeah, well, Pac-Man, you've had a really long day. You had Applebee's, you banged 2 strippers. So are you over your wife yet?
Waka waka waka.
Oh, no, Pac-Man, no, don't do that.
Waka 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 waka.
No, Pac-Man, you're gonna regret it.
Waka waka waka.
No, Pac-Man, don't.
What'd he say?
He said he's gonna go murder his ex-wife like OJ.
Oh no!
We gotta stop him!
Listen, if we go to the police, they're never gonna believe this. I mean, I'm a cop and I don't even believe it. And the last time I tried to interfere with an old video game character, Hubert went to jail. So I think we should just mind our own business on this one.
Wait, what was that about strippers?
Oh yeah, there are 2 Pac-Man strippers in the bedroom over there with fruit in their orifices.
Hey guys, what's your favorite color crayon? Mine's cotton candy.
Mine's eggplant. What's that? A wiener joke in the first 10 seconds? Oh, Cody, you naughty dog.
Ooh, look at this one, Piggy Pink. I didn't know your mom's skin color was a crayon, Cody.
Shut up, Junior. My mom's not a piggy, Junior.
Hey Joseph, what's your favorite crayon color? Cotton candy's the best.
Oh, bro, can I borrow that, please?
Sure.
Ah, thanks, bro.
Patrick, Joseph broke my favorite color crayon.
And what are you gonna do about it, punk cry?
Yeah.
I also like being loud.
Cody's mom's a piggy! Cody's mom's a piggy!
Alright, everyone, shut up, you stupid brats! Because of you, I'm stuck in this hellhole all summer long! So today, I'm gonna make you suffer. So get out a piece of paper, and I want you to write, I ruined Mrs. Fitzpatrick's summer. I'm sorry for being so dumb 10,000 times. When that hand starts to hurt, switch to the other hand. When that hand starts to hurt, switch again. When both hands are hurting, use your mouth to write. And if you complain once, you are starting all over. I'll be over here scrolling on Instagram and wishing I was someone else.
What, Cody?
Damn, Junior. Who pissed in her Frosted Flakes?
Cody, 1,000 more times!
Oh, damn, fuck. Get my ass, Junior.
What?
Who whacked off in her Cocoa Puffs?
That's it! Cody, Junior, Joseph, Mikey, 1,000 more times for all of you!
Ooh, she wrecked our asses.
All right, Cody, stop.
Yeah, bro, chill out. You're gonna get us in more trouble.
Hey, Junior.
No, stop.
Joseph.
Dude, chill.
Mikey. No. I'm gonna say it anyway. Who took a shit in her cinnamon toast crunch?
That is it! Get your ass up here! You're getting the paddle!
Oh no, not the paddle. Wink, wink. Oh no, please don't spank me with the paddle. And whatever you do, please don't call me a dirty little boy. And please don't pull my hair. Come on, Teach, spank them cheeks.
Cody!
Yes'm? Ow, what the fuck? That wasn't hot at all, it just hurt.
Don't talk back to me!
Oh shit, okay, I won't.
Does anybody else want some of this?
Damn, guys, I think she should be fired. That was messed up. I mean, a regular spanking would be cool, but she hit me in the face.
Don't worry, Cody. My dad's done worse to her with his fist.
They're not going to fire her for hitting you, Cody. Principal Steinbeck likes violence.
Yeah, you're right. We should try to make her quit.
She wants to quit. She doesn't have enough money to quit.
Ooh, well, I do have this prank lottery ticket that makes it look like you won the lottery when you scratch it off. Maybe if I give it to her and she thinks she won the lottery, she'll decide to quit.
That would be so funny if you did that.
Yeah, dude, that's a smart idea.
Okay, I'll go tell her I'm sorry. Miss Fitzpatrick.
What do you want, Cody? You want another one?
No, I just wanted to apologize for making you angry. See, my parents buy all these scratch-offs and I steal them, so I just wanted to give you one to make it up to you.
Oh, well, I do have a gambling addiction. Oh, I love scratch-offs. Thank you, Cody.
Well, I hope you win big. I have a feeling you might.
Thank you, Cody. Go sit down and finish your assignment.
Okay, but if you win, make sure you give me a big old yippee-ki-yay.
Go sit down, Cody!
Okay.
Where's a quarter? Oh my god. Oh my god! Class! I just won $1 million a week for the rest of my life! I never have to see your fucking faces ever again! Tell Principal Steinbeck I quit! Fuck you, Mikey! Fuck you!
Oh, now I feel bad. She's so happy, and when she finds out it's fake, she's gonna be depressed.
It's okay, Cody. Everyone needs a little bit of happiness in their life, even if it's fake.
I hope she doesn't say anything mean to my dad. He'll beat her.
Do we have to stay in school now that we don't have a teacher?
No, I think we can go home.
Oh, I'm angry. Oh, guys, I am not in a good mood. No, sir. No, sir, Bob. Because your old teacher, Mrs. Fitzpatrick. Oh, what's the words to describe her? I don't want to be too rude. I'm in front of children. She's an loyal bitch for wanting to quit because she won the lottery. Can you believe it, guys? Oh, the money controls her. That's sad. And she said some very, very mean things, a little bit on the racial side. But I'm not going to judge her. Don't know how she was raised. But you guys, you thought that summer school was going to be over because you didn't have a teacher, huh? Stupid! Because I found a teacher just walking around outside. How convenient, right? Perfect timing. Yeah, his name is Mr. Blinkle. Come on in, Mr. Blinkle. Introduce yourself.
Hey there, beautiful kids.
Yeah, he enjoys you guys. Can you believe it? He begged for the job, cried for it. Weird as hell. Like, I never knew somebody who actually begged for a job like this ever. But anyway, you got the job, Mr. Blinkle. Teach these little brats. Please let them learn something. God damn it.
Ooh, with pleasure.
So see you brats later. Oh yeah, let me know if you need any help, Mr. Blinkle.
Thanks, Principal Steinbeck. I think I can take it from here. Hey there, kids. I'm your old pal, Mr. Blinkle, and I'm so excited to be your new summer school teacher who needs to be outside running through the sprinklers and getting all wet and shiny when you could be in here with me, learning. Now how about we all go around the class and tell me your ages. I mean names, but also your ages and your addresses and when your parents go to work and come home. Actually, how about you all just write it down and put it on my desk, and then I can drive all of you home.
Okay, this assignment's a lot easier.
Yeah, this is super easy.
Guys, does Mr. Blinkle look kind of familiar to you?
Cody, I think I would remember someone wearing a fake mustache and glasses and nose.
Yeah, he's just weird, you know.
Oh, what's this? A spanking paddle? Your old teacher knew what she was doing. I thought I was going to have to stop by the store and pick one of these up. Ooh, yeah, that's good. That's good stuff. Cody, you mind looking up for me?
What?
Thanks, got it. Ooh, Oh, yeah. Guys, Mr. Blinkle just took a picture of me.
Well, maybe it's for yearbooks.
But, Junior, there are no yearbooks in summer school.
Well, maybe he's trying to put names to faces and that helps him remember.
Maybe.
I just finished the assignment, so I'm done for the day. All right, Mr. Blinkle, I'm done with my assignment. You don't have to drive me home. I can just walk.
No. You need to stay.
Wait, you told me after I was done I could go home.
But we have a big group assignment coming up at the end of class. It's a group hug, a big old group hug.
Can I skip that?
No, it's mandatory. It's a mandatory hug.
Oh, okay.
Wait, Junior? It says here your dad's a stay-at-home dad?
Yeah, he doesn't have a job.
Oh, that sucks. That is very disappointing. Okay, that's fine. I'm not really that into redheads anyway.
Oh, no, my mom's dead, I think.
Oh, okay. Everybody hurry up with those papers!
Guys, the new teacher's kinda nice. He wants us all to hug after class.
He's still kind of weird.
He's got a big nose. Dude, don't make fun of the Jewish like that.
I think you just did.
I need to go ask the teacher a question. I like to announce when I'm getting up from my desk.
Hurry up, kids. When you're done, we can go to the gym and hit the showers.
Hey, Mr. Blinkle, can I talk to you in private?
Yes, you can. Where do you want to talk? In the closet? Or maybe out in the hallway or in the bathroom? Or maybe we can talk out in my car. Or at my house. Yeah, we should talk at my house. Because the walls are completely soundproof, so no one will be able to hear us. Not even the neighbors. It'll be extra private.
No, right here's fine. I just didn't want to be really loud and you're kind of yelling.
Oh, well, what did you want to talk about?
Well, this famous streamer I follow has been sending me really inappropriate stuff, like pictures of himself, and he's been really weird, so I just thought I should talk to an adult about it.
Ew! Get out of my face! I don't want somebody else's sloppy seconds, that's disgusting!
Okay.
Ugh, I gotta start being a streamer. They just have it too easy. I miss the good old days when all you had was a van full of candy and a dream.
Did you ask the teacher your question?
He didn't seem interested in my problem.
Hey guys, should I throw a paper ball at the teacher?
That'd be fucking hilarious, Junior. A real hoot. You want me to throw it?
What?
I can drop fucking bombs, Junior. I can make it rain on that hoe. I'm like Tom Brady Jr. Look at that thing. Yeah.
So damn naughty. You deserve this.
Oh, Cody, you missed!
Well, I guess I'm not Tom Brady. I guess I'm some other quarterback that's bad at throwing. I don't know sports.
I'm gonna make another paper ball.
Matt Schwab?
What?
Is that one Matt Schwab?
I guess I've heard of that.
Well, I guess I'm Matt Schwab.
Alright, I'm gonna hit him right in the head. I hit the
Are you Matt Schwab?
Dude, just give me the ball. I'll throw it like Michael Vick.
You're gonna kill a bunch of dogs?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the job done though. Ugh.
Here's my paper. Oh my god, your mustache is fake!
Oh, man, it's Mr. Winkle!
What a pervert!
That's right, it's me! No, nobody try to follow me, or I'm gonna stab her with this pencil and she'll get lead poisoning! Well, they actually make it with graphite now, but still, it'll hurt really bad! Come on! You know, it would be really cool if you told the principal I quit and that I didn't kidnap a student.
Somebody help me!
Oh, that was a close one.
Yeah, dude, he almost got our ass.
I mean, he did take a student.
Who's Mr. Winkle?
Dude, you don't want to know.
But I do though.
You know EDP 445?
Yeah.
He's like the white, skinny version of him.
Yeah, the white twin, dude.
Oh.
I'm even more mad! You can tell by my tone.
No! Why does it happen to me? Principal Steinbeck! Oh, another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Oh! Look, class, your teacher quit. Another one. I guess it is your lucky day, since I can't find a second teacher just wandering around outside. It was nothing but homeless people. I tried. But look, I will have a teacher for you tomorrow. Yes, he will be meaner and more angrier and eviler than me. I love it already. But if I can't, I have to teach the class by myself. I will. I promise you I will. And you won't like it, because I bite. I'm not nice. So, I guess class is dismissed. Oh, get out of my face. I don't want to see you guys anymore.
Yay! We get to go home early!
Hey, Joseph! I'm never gonna forgive you for breaking my cotton candy crown.
And what the hell are you gonna do about it, fuck boy? Not a damn thing, but cry to your mama? Huh? That's what I thought.
My mom's dead.
Hey guys, it's Logan. Thank you guys so much for helping us reach our goal of selling 2,000 Jeffy pianos. The Jeffy piano will only be available until July 31st, so if you still want one, go on smlmerch.com right now and pre-order yours now. Thank you so much for being amazing fans. We love you guys, and I can't wait to make more videos for you.
Alright, Steve, why'd you call me here today?
I'm not Steve.
Wait a minute. you're not Steve.
No, I'm not Steve. I'm a woman.
She's a woman. So, how you doing? My name's Ronald.
Yes, I know who you are, Mr. McDonald.
Good. So let me show you what I'm working with. Yeah, that's what I'm working with. No. That's what I'm working with.
That's very nice.
Thank you. You want to see it?
No, I'm okay. I would like to discuss why we're here today. So, oh, Jesus Christ, put that away!
That's real, by the way.
That's wonderful. I don't need to see it.
All right, I put it away.
Okay, thank you. Oh, my God, put it away!
That one had my butthole in it.
Oh, my gosh. Can we please focus?
Yeah.
Okay, so why...
Where's Steve?
Steve is sick. He couldn't come.
No, I get that. Sometimes when I can't, you know what I'm saying? I like to use my imagination. So I close my eyes and pretend I'm in a Waffle House bathroom with the door unlocked. And I'm just going crazy on it. I'm going crazy! And the thing that gets me off is that someone could walk in at any time. That is what really gets me going. Tell Steve to try that.
Okay, I will. Can we please focus?
Yes, please. I've been trying to do it the whole time. I got a date after this.
Sir, you're quarter pounders.
What are you doing after this?
Okay, no, I'm married.
Me too. Never stop me.
You're quarter pounders.
Delicious.
They're making people sick.
Okay, if people eat too much of anything in one day, it's gonna make them sick. How many are they eating in a day? 2, 5, 17?
They just had one.
Nah, they didn't have just one. That doesn't make them sick. I have a quarter pounder every single day.
There are E. coli in your burgers.
What's E. coli?
It's a bacteria.
Okay, I got it. Doesn't take a rocket scientist. We take the quarter pounder. We take the E. coli out. We sell the quarter pounder.
We're trying to do that, but there are 70 people that are already sick and 10 who have died.
Okay, give them a refund.
What about the people that died?
Okay, give their families a refund.
I don't think that's enough.
I got it. Give them all a free large French fry. No, medium.
A free medium French fry isn't going to fix this.
Then they're greedy. And I'm sorry, how many people did you say died?
10.
10! And how many people live in the world? 8 billion? So you're telling me 10 out of 8 billion people died? That's like winning the lottery! You know what? Give them the large French fry. Give them 2.
You could lose millions! What is this? What are you doing right now?
I'm brushing off the millions. I make billions! You think I give a shit about millions in Dallas?
You might not make billions if people are going somewhere else for burgers because yours are making them sick!
You know what? I know how to fix this. Hold on.
What are you doing? What is
Record me!
What?
I said record me!
Doing what?
Just record! Hey there, America. It's your favorite sweetheart here, Ronald McDonald. And I bet you're wondering, Ronald, do your burgers have E. coli? No, they don't have E. coli. Look at this beautiful double quarter pounder with cheese and shit. Unbox that. Oh, yeah, look at that cheese. Look at the cheese, cameraman. You see it? Look at the pickle. Oh, a little bit of onion action there. And don't forget the sesame seed bun. Cameraman, come smell this. Come smell this. Smell it!
Okay.
You know what that smells like? Good. And you know what Ronald does to good America? Oh, yeah. Don't stop recording! Keep going! That's what Ronald does to good America. Eats it up.
Doctor, is he gonna be okay?
He has E. coli poisoning from eating contaminated meat.
Ronald, I told you those quarter pounders are dangerous. Is he gonna be okay, doctor?
Well, his symptoms should go away in about 3 to 5 days, but if you'll excuse me, I have to give myself a prostate exam.
Ronald, are you okay?
I feel like I'm dying.
Well, Ronald, your problems have only gotten worse. There have been 20 more cases reported of E. coli since you've been in the hospital.
Okay, give him a refund.
Ronald, we discussed this. A refund isn't enough. Also, your stock prices have dropped 5%. Burger King is beating you now.
What did you just say?
Burger King is beating you now.
Oh, hell. Oh, hell no. I'm gonna fix that.
Breaking news, okay? E. coli has been found in McDonald's quarter pounders and is causing people to get sick. Please avoid eating quarter pounders until the outbreak is resolved.
Oh my God, E. coli!
Jeffy!
Oh!
Don't eat that quarter pounder with cheese.
Why?
It might have E. coli.
What's E. coli?
It's a bacteria, Jeffy, and it can make you really, really sick.
Yeah, E. coli is usually found in poop.
Oh, well, I'm immune to that because sometimes I lick the toilet paper after I wipe.
Don't ever do that.
I know, that's why I said sometimes, because sometimes I forget to do it.
What? No, don't ever do it. Don't ever do that.
I know, because sometimes I forget to do it.
No. You forget to do it. No, that means you're making it a priority to do it. Don't ever do it.
Okay.
There's someone at the door. Do not eat that and don't lick toilet paper. We'll talk about that later. Hello?
Oh, God!
Are you okay?
No, I'm not. It's me, Ronald McDonald.
I know who you are.
Good. Hey!
What?
Can I use your bathroom? Cause there is shit and piss in this bag. Oh God! Hold this! Hold this!
Oh, I don't want to hold it! Ew! Ew!
Who's at the door, Marvin?
It was Ronald McDonald.
Really? Is he here to give us a refund on our burger?
Refund my ass! I don't give refunds!
Well, can we at least get a free medium french fry?
Ronald, why are you so sick?
Because I ate a quarter pounder that had E. coli, and now I'm shitting out my mouth and puking out my ass!
Oh yeah, we saw that on the news.
Well, the news is a bunch of lies! My food don't make nobody sick!
Oh, all over the carpet.
That's where I need your help.
What, my help with what?
Well, my sales are going down, and Burger King's are going up. And I need someone to get the media attention off of me and onto someone else, like Burger King. So what I need you to do is go to Burger King, buy a Whopper, eat the Whopper, get sick from it, which shouldn't be too hard. It's not even real food, it's disgusting. Go to the news, tell them you got sick from it. And then everyone's gonna come back to old Ronald.
Why don't you just eat the Whopper and get sick?
That would be a little obvious, don't you think?
Okay, but a regular Whopper is not going to make me sick.
What a bet! It's rat food! I'll rub it on the ground and throw it in the toilet and shit, and then you can eat it. You're gonna eat that shit.
I don't want to get sick.
I'll pay you $1 million!
$1 million?
Yeah, I will.
Baby, I think I have to do this. It's $1 million just to get sick for like, what, a few days?
I don't know, Marvin.
Yeah, go get a Whopper. We'll tamper with it.
Okay, I'll go get a Whopper.
Good boy.
Okay, guys. I got a Whopper with cheese.
Oh, buddy, don't eat that. Just take a picture of it the way it is and send it to the news. I'll get my customers back, because that shit is disgusting.
Well, no, I gotta eat it. I gotta get sick.
Buddy, I can't let you eat that. It's not worth your life. You'll die if you eat that.
Well, no, I need the milk.
It looks so much better now. It actually looks edible. Bone apple titties. Now eat it.
I'm so sorry. I don't think I can eat it.
Marvin, please don't.
So you don't want $1 million?
I just don't think I can eat that for $1 million. You literally shaved your foot on it.
Okay, well fine. I guess I'll just find someone else. Hey kid! Wanna make $1 million?
Yeah.
Eat that shit.
Okay.
Well, no, Jeffy, do not eat it. He rubbed it on the toilet. It was so disgusting.
But Daddy, it's $1 million cash.
Do whatever you want to do. It's gonna be okay, Jeffy.
I don't feel good.
Hey there, welcome to the hospital. How can I help you?
Yes, doctor, my son.
Wait, let me say it. Yes, doctor. My son took a bite from this Burger King burger that they sold just like this, and now he's dying. He's dying, doctor. Help him, please. Someone help my son that I love. Someone help. Call the news and tell them that Burger King killed my son! Can you, Burger King? Can you?
Well, Ronald. Tampering with my burgers?
Well, if it isn't the Bitch King.
You're just trying to get attention away from your E. coli, aren't you?
Actually, yeah, you kind of nailed it right on the money. That's exactly what I'm doing.
Well, doing that to my burgers is not going to get rid of your E. coli problem.
Trust me, your burger looked a lot worse before I put my seed in it.
You banged my burger?
Yeah, I did.
Wait, so you did tamper with this?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I can't go to the news about that, but I think they would be very interested to know that Ronald McDonald was banging hamburgers.
Listen, we can just forget this ever happened. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Well, you're still gonna give Jeffy $1 million for taking a bite of that, right?
What the fuck?
What? Oh, wow, we just got scammed. We got duped. Where's the doctor that was here earlier?
Oh yeah, he found a lump in his prostate, so he's pretty worried about that.
Well, where were you?
Oh, I was playing Tetris in the bathroom. Yeah, I had a good run going, so I didn't want to stop.
You're attached to Burger King.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, I am. That's cool.
Well, alarm clock boy, our plan to take over the world is almost in effect.
Yes, Clockman!
Now all we have to do is destroy all the clocks in the world so that only we know the time. And when people want to know the time, they will have to pay us.
And they'll have to pay me if they want to be woken up on time for work. It's genius!
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant!
But, Clockman, how are we going to break all the clocks in the world?
Why, with my clock-smashing hammer, of course. Alarm clock man, hand me the hammer.
Very well, Clockman.
Now, broadcast us to the world.
With pleasure.
Wow, guys, can you believe it's already almost 2025?
What?
What? Wait.
What did you say?
Can you believe it's almost already 2025?
Yeah, wait, I'm taking this.
Wait.
All right, no, yeah. No,
What year is it?
2024 went by really fast.
Yes, it did.
Yeah, did anything happen this year that was even important? Like, it just seemed like nothing big happened.
Well, there was, no, this year was kind of a bust, honestly.
Yeah, so what's your guys' New Year's resolution?
Oh, I'm gonna quit drinking because apparently I need to stop.
Yeah, you can't, no dates.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
What's yours, Jeffy?
Well, my New Year's resolution is that when I shit in my pants, I'm not going to scoop my ass across the ground like a dog and leave a snail trail of shit.
All right, yeah.
That's good. What about yours?
I just want to feel better.
Oh, you're sick?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well.
What about you, Marvin?
Mine's to not wear a tie anymore.
Yeah, I guess I really don't see the point.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's doing too much.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have a job or anything. You're just wearing a polo shirt with a clip-on tie.
Okay, I might keep wearing it.
I don't think you should.
Well, let's turn on some TV to watch the ball drop.
Yeah, let's watch Christopher Walken's Rockin' New Year's Eve.
Yeah, hit it.
Hello and welcome to Christopher Walken's Rockin' New Year's Eve. I'm your host, Christopher Walken, star of such movies as Click and Kangaroo Jack. Tonight our musical guest is me, hitting the cowbell. I'm gonna start hitting it.
Hello, people of the world. It is I, Clockman.
And I, Alarm Clock Boy.
You're all very excited for it to hit midnight so you can ring in the new year. But how will you know when midnight is when we destroy all the clocks in the world?
Do it, Clockman. Show them you're serious.
I'm not fucking around. Tell me what time it is now.
All you did was shatter the glass. We can still tell what time it is.
What?
I got this, Clockman.
Now how will you tell the time?
Well, that was only one clock. There's so many clocks in the world.
Well, I will destroy all the clocks, like this one.
Don't forget this one, Clockman.
Thank you, Alarm Clock Boy. Yes, bring me all of your clocks so I may destroy them.
And your alarm clocks, too.
We're not just gonna bring you our clocks, and we have other things that can tell time, like our phones.
And our cars.
Yeah. Well, I guess there are a lot of devices that can tell the time.
Well, attention world! Bring us all of your phones, and cars, and microwaves, and ovens,
And refrigerators, and watches. Fuck, there are so many watches. Smartwatches, Fitbits, stoves.
Ooh, gaming consoles.
Gaming consoles, TVs, really any smart device in your home. Anything with internet access, honestly.
And the sun.
And the sun. Sundials are gonna be a real problem. Clock towers.
Big Ben.
Big Ben, fuck. Somebody turn off Big Ben.
Alarm clock boy, we may need to reevaluate our plan. Well, hold on, world, because we will be back shortly with more demands.
Oh, those guys are fucking idiots.
Marvin, do you really think they're gonna come in and break all our clocks?
There's no way they can physically go and break every single clock in the world.
No, it's gotta be like billions.
Like trillions of things that tell time.
Yeah, let's go back to watching Christopher Walken.
Damn it, alarm clock boy, we just embarrassed ourselves in front of the whole world.
Well, I thought it was a good plan.
How are we going to destroy all the clocks of the world now?
What if we EMP the whole world?
Alarm clock boy, we don't have an EMP. We're not the military. We are high school dropouts in my mother's basement. All we have is clocks and this hammer.
Damn it! Wait. What if we go door to door and smash everyone's clocks in the world?
Yes, if Santa Claus can travel the world in one night, then so can we. Alarm clock boy, broadcast me to the world!
I'm Christopher Walken, and I like it when things are good, like kitty cats.
Hello again, people of the world. We have perfected our plan. Me and Alarm Clock Boy are going to travel the whole world in one night and destroy everyone's clocks.
Like Santa Claus.
Well, we'll be traveling the world like Santa Claus, not delivering presents or eating cookies. Just breaking clocks. So please, do not lock your doors, because you will only make it harder for us and delay the inevitable. Come, Alarm Clock Boy, we have many clocks to break. Many clocks to break. Come on!
Oh no, Marvin, they're gonna break into our house!
What do we do?
Lock the door.
Jeffy, go lock the door.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Good thinking. I don't know how you thought of that.
Alright, Jeffy, just lock the door. You can do this. No. Wait. Which one was it? Okay, like that. Maybe like that. Left, down, right, up, left, down. Okay. I think we're good. Alright. The door is locked.
Alright, let's enjoy our New Year's.
Look, Alarm Clock Boy, the first house!
Our first victims!
On the count of 3, we will bust in there, break all of their clocks, and run out!
With pleasure!
1, 2, 3! Now, Alarm Clock Boy, where are the clocks?
Oh, this one, right over here! Go on, give it a whack!
That one's done for! To the kitchen!
Look, Clockman, the microwave!
Get the time off! Get the time off!
Got it.
Good God Almighty, the stove!
Oh, God! Got it.
That does it for this house. On to the next!
Hey! What the fuck you guys doing in my house?
What's the matter? Is now a bad time?
Hank, I think they destroyed our clocks.
You can destroy my clock without the L.
Why don't you ask the babysitter?
You're probably right. Alright, there's your brand new smart refrigerator. So it's got the time on there, it's got a calendar. You can even go on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. It's basically a big ass iPad that keeps your food cold.
Dang, that's fancy as fuck. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hope you enjoy it.
Oh yeah, I definitely will. Oh, YouTube? No way.
Look, Alarm Clock Boy, our next victims. We're making good time.
And look, what you said worked. The doors are locked. Everyone's listening.
They fear us.
Those mortals.
Look, Alarm Clock Boy, the time on the refrigerator.
And is that the weather?
It is.
Look, Clockman, this fridge even has YouTube and Facebook and Instagram.
My golly, what does this fridge not do? Suck my...
Fridge, suck Clockman's... I guess not.
What is this whiteboard?
I don't know. Look, Clockman, you can draw on it. Let's see. We'll do that.
Oh, is that a clock?
I believe so.
Oh, well, Alarm Clock Boy, I don't want to destroy this. I want to keep it for myself. You know, destroying all of the clocks in the world is almost impossible. But if we stole all the refrigerators in the world, then only we would be able to keep things cold, and people would have to pay us to keep their food cold.
Clockman, there's something I need to tell you about this idea of yours.
What?
It's genius! Let's go!
Just help me with the fridge.
Guys, the ball is about to drop. It's 2025.
Shh, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Baby, you can't go to sleep before the ball drops in your mouth.
Marvin. All right, time to drop the ball. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Hello, world. You're probably wondering why your clocks aren't broken. Well, that's because we decided to move on to bigger and cooler things. Refrigerators!
And freezers!
If we steal all the refrigerators in the world, you'll have to come to us to keep your food cold.
And you'll have to come to me if you want to freeze your pizzas or your ice cream.
So you can call me Refrigerator Man.
And you can call me Freezer Boy. And this is Frozone to show you how cool I am.
So continue to leave your doors unlocked, because we're still coming by tonight to steal your refrigerators.
And freezers.
Come, Freezer Boy.
God, not these assholes again. Trying to steal all the refrigerators is impossible.
They're so heavy. Like, how would you store all of them? That's so stupid. It's so dumb. And we just missed the ball drop because they interrupted it. Happy 2025, everyone. Balls doesn't drop yet, right?
Marvin, stop it.
All right, Freezer Boy. We're back at the first house. Now to break in and steal the refrigerator.
And Freezer.
Now, Freezer Boy, I don't want to hurt your feelings, but I believe their freezer is attached to the refrigerator.
You've obviously never seen a deep freezer before.
Well, if they have one of those, we'll steal that too. Now get ready. 1, 2, 3. Quick, Freezer Boy, let's steal the refrigerator.
Hey! Fucking dickheads, breaking my clocks and trying to steal my refrigerator?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you found me another Dalmatian puppy to kill yet and use its fur for me knickknacks?
No, ma'am, but don't you think you've killed enough Dalmatians? I mean, you've literally killed 100.
And I need to kill one more. The movie is called 101 Dalmatians.
I mean, yeah, I got it, but like, I don't think anyone would know that you haven't killed 101 Dalmatians. I mean, this is a lot of fur. If the police ever came here and found out that you killed 100 Dalmatian puppies, you would be facing 100 counts of animal abuse. You would make Michael Vick look innocent.
And you've helped me do it, didn't you?
Well, yeah, but money will make you do some crazy things.
Look, are you gonna help me get the last Dalmatian or not?
I really don't want to. I mean, screw it. What's one more at this point, right?
Now go get me last Dalmatian. Go quick.
What, are you in that much of a hurry to kill one more Dalmatian puppy?
Go now, Jasper.
Alright, I mean, you're sick in the head, you know that, right?
Get out of here!
I mean, you seriously need some counseling.
Jasper, go!
Hey, Daddy.
What? What was that about?
George Bush made me do it.
Jeffy, go throw your paper airplane somewhere else.
Okay.
This chicken Alfredo bussin'. Ooh, but wait right here, chicken Alfredo, cause you know me. Chef Pee Pee gotta take out his pee pee to go pee pee. You know what I'm talking about? Don't move at all, baby. Yeah. Oh, sorry, chicken Alfredo. I was playing with it a little bit, you know, jiggling and stuff. Oh my God, a fire! Somebody call the fire department! It's a fire!
Relax, everybody. The fire department is here. There you go. I put out the fire. No, down, boy, down. Well, I didn't mean stop. I actually just meant lower. Does anybody have a jar of peanut butter? I'm about to act up.
Wait, what's going on in here?
I put out the fire in the kitchen.
Why was there a fire in the kitchen?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I was cooking chicken Alfredo, then I had to go to the bathroom to play with myself a little bit. Then came back in here and my chicken Alfredo's on fire.
Well, there is a piece of paper in the pan.
Oh no, Jeffy.
Wait, what the hell did Jeffy do?
He was playing with a paper airplane. I think he threw it in the pan.
Oh, damn it, Jeffy!
Well, that means I'm gonna have to give you a stern talking to. No fires in the house. That's right, boy.
Who's that?
Oh, this is Puppo, the firefighting Dalmatian. We dressed him up like a firefighter, isn't that cute? Don't you just love putting animals in people clothes? I mean, he hates it, but I think it's adorable. And the bitches love it. They're like, oh, what's his name? And I'm like, oh, what's your phone number? Maybe I can bring him by your house later and do some other things.
Why'd you hire a Dalmatian for the fire department?
Well, Dalmatians have been going endangered lately for some reason. A lot of kidnappings of Dalmatians, so we figured if we give him a job, I can keep an eye on him. Although, a firefighter's a pretty dangerous job. He's going through your pantry right now. Yeah, I think he's looking for some chocolate. He just wants to end it. Oh, good boy, Puppo! Where was that bathroom you were talking about?
What?
Never mind, we're gonna go do it in the truck.
Where am I gonna find a Dalmatian at this time of night?
Okay, Puppo, no biting this time. Let me just get the lid off this jar. Ooh.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Is that a Dalmatian?
Yep, it is.
Can I take your Dalmatian for a walk?
What? No, the fuck? Get out of here, you weirdo.
Well, I've always wanted a Dalmatian and I've never seen one before.
Well, there you go. Now you've seen one. Now get out of here.
Look, I really need to take that Dalmatian for a walk.
Look, the only way you're seeing me or my Dalmatian is if there's a fire.
Wait, so you're saying if I go and start a fire, that you and that Dalmatian will show up?
Yeah, with half a jar of peanut butter.
But that's a whole jar of peanut butter.
Exactly.
I got it. Oh man, I really hope this works.
Hello?
Good afternoon, sir. I was just wondering if I could come inside and cook dinner in your kitchen.
The fuck? No!
What's going on, Hank?
This weirdo wants to come inside and cook dinner in our house. I told him no, so handle it. I gotta go take a wicked dookie.
I'm so sorry. What was it that you wanted?
I was just wondering if I could come inside and
Oh
cook.
my God, I love your accent. Where are you from?
The UK?
Oh, well, I've always wanted to be with a European man. You can come inside the house and do whatever you want.
But is it your husband in the bathroom?
Oh, well, he takes a long number 2, so I will be in the bedroom getting ready.
All right. All right. Let's get this party started.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm starting a fire in your kitchen, little girl.
Why are you doing that?
Because I have to steal a Dalmatian.
That doesn't make any sense.
You might want to step back. Oh no, fire! Someone come help.
Hey there, somebody called the fire department. This better be an emergency.
Oh no, fire! Get over here!
Wait, hey, get back here with Sucko! I mean Puppo! Swiper, no swiping!
No.
Swiper, no swiping!
No.
Swiper, no swiping!
Oh man!
Come here, Puppo. Why are you trying to steal my Dalmatian?
Because I work for Cruella de Vil! Well, a girl who thinks she's Cruella de Vil, and she's killed 100 Dalmatians, and she wants to kill one more.
Well, Jesus, that sounds like a job for when I'm a cop. Well, you're not gonna steal my Dalmatian!
Oh yeah, we'll see about that!
Well, I'd like to see you try! Again! Come on, Puppo. There's some sick people in this world. Well, I gotta clean off my uniform first. Marvin, you're never gonna believe what happened. Somebody tried to kidnap my Dalmatian.
Wait, like the movie 101 Dalmatians?
Yeah, exactly like that. Somebody thinks she's Cruella de Vil and she's already killed 100 Dalmatians and now she's trying to kill my Dalmatian.
Oh no!
Well, why don't you dress up like a cop and arrest her?
Oh, good idea, Marvin. I should get a different Dalmatian to give her so she kills that one instead of my Dalmatian.
Marvin, that's a horrible idea!
That's not what I said. I said, why don't you go arrest her for killing Dalmatians?
Marvin, you sick bastard. I'm not gonna breed Dalmatians and start a puppy mill of Dalmatians just to give her to keep killing them over and over again. That's terrible.
Marvin, how could you think of something so awful?
That's not what I said. I said... Why don't you slowly torture all the Dalmatians?
Well, Marvin, I can't just dress up like a cop and arrest her. I don't have any proof. Anybody could have killed all those Dalmatians, but if I give her a Dalmatian to kill in front of me, then I could arrest her for killing a Dalmatian.
Well, why don't you just give her your Dalmatian?
I can't give her mine. Mine is specially trained to do firefighter things. There's no way I could train another dog to do that and enjoy it.
Okay, well, how are you going to find another Dalmatian?
Well, on Craigslist, of course. Looky here, Dalmatian for sale, only 35 bucks.
That's not a Dalmatian. That looks like an angry dog.
I know, but we could just paint Dalmatian spots on it and nobody would know the difference.
Okay, go get it, I guess.
Well, I was kind of hoping you guys would go get it.
Why us?
Well, because I have kind of a reputation about dogs and peanut butter, so nobody's going to sell me a dog, but they'll definitely sell one to a happy couple like you two.
Okay, what's really going on?
I don't want to play two characters in the next scene, okay? Just go!
Okay, well, can you give us the $35?
Yeah. Okay, here's 40, but bring me back the change.
I can't keep the $5 for gas money since I'm driving to get this dog?
No. No.
All right, baby, this is the house.
Hello! Welcome to Craig's house!
Oh, hi, Craig. We saw your dog on Craigslist.
Yes, isn't it hilarious? My name is Craig, and I posted on Craigslist!
Oh! I get it!
Yes!
Okay, so can we get the dog?
Yes, come on in. He's locked in the room. Okay, he's in here. There he is!
there's Mr. Cuddles. You can pet him if you want to.
Does he bite?
Yeah.
Does he break the skin?
Oh, yeah.
Does he latch on and doesn't let go?
Oh, yeah, he did that to my dad.
Did it hurt him?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, does he have rabies?
Oh, yeah.
Rabies?
Yeah, but he is purebred.
Okay, baby, give him the money.
Okay, here you go.
Do you have change for 40?
No. There you go, Mr. Cuddles.
Tell him to let go! Tell him to let go!
Mr. Cuddles, no biting.
Dear God, make it stop!
Oh my God, I got the stupid dog you wanted, and look, his tooth came off into my leg.
Oh no! Where's the $5?
He didn't give us change.
Ugh, you're gonna ruin a friendship over $5. Well, just so you know, I'm starting a tab on you. You owe me $5.
Get him up! Get him up!
Marvin, quit playing around with the dog. We gotta make him look like a Dalmatian. I'll go get the stuff. Now, does that look like a Dalmatian or what?
Wait, how did you get it to calm down?
Easy. I just hit it with the old horse tranquilizer. It should be out for about 15 minutes.
Why didn't you give him a tranquilizer before he bit me?
Well, I wasn't there, was I? No, I wasn't. But I called the guy who wants to steal my Dalmatian so I can give him this one instead.
Hello, did someone call me?
Yeah, so since you want to steal my Dalmatian, I bought you a different one, so here you go. Kill this one.
Oh, wow, thank you. You made my job a lot easier.
Yeah, just take this one back to your boss and hope she doesn't want to do the sequel, 102 Dalmatians.
Yeah, let's hope not, but knowing that crazy bitch, she probably will.
Well, since this was a successful day, I'm gonna go get some peanut butter and give Puppo here a peanut butter corn dog.
All right, ma'am, here's your 101th Dalmatian.
What the bloody hell is that?
A Dalmatian?
You fucking wanker, that ain't a Dalmatian. It's a regular old mutt in a costume, isn't it?
Well, it looked like a Dalmatian to me with the spots and whatnot.
You're fired. Get out of here.
Well, I don't care. I already got paid.
God, if you want it done right, you gotta do it yourself. What you doing? Oh, you're an ugly old thing, aren't you?
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I'm Poopy from SML. I do the voice of Cody and Brooklyn Guy and a whole bunch of other people. Did you know we're selling Jeffy pianos right now on smlmerch.com? Yeah, that's right. They make Jeffy noises whenever you press the keys. Listen to that. It's fucking crazy, right? Well, if you want one, you better grab one now, because on July 31st, they disappear forever. Gone. Bye-bye. No more buying them. So you better get one now. Just thought you should know that. So you can do this. Listen to that. Listen to that, Jeffy.
Alright, class, today we're going to be doing a historic disaster project. So each of you are going to pick a disaster from history and create a replica and present it to the class.
Can it be any historical disaster?
Literally any disaster. I don't give shit. The worse the better.
Yes, I'm doing 9/11.
Junior, don't say that.
Well, Cody, I'm only one of 2 people to ever say that sentence. Actually, there was 19 hijackers. Hassan bin Laden. I'm one of 21 people to ever say that.
I know what I'm doing, and let's just say it shook the world.
I know what I'm gonna do. It was one of the worst disasters ever.
I wonder if anybody's wondering what I'm gonna do.
What are you gonna do, Cody?
Oh, I don't know. There's just so many to choose from. Do I do the Titanic, or maybe Chernobyl, or the California wildfires? I don't know.
Oh, guys, I'm gonna go home right now and get started on my project.
Junior, are you really gonna do 9/11?
Well, for the FBI listening, no. But for my school project, yes. Let me practice my throw. Actually, you know what? Maybe. Actually, be very concerned. I might actually do it.
Where the bitch is at?
Ooh, Joseph, what's your project gonna be?
Oh, that was a hint. You'll see.
I can't imagine.
So, Cody, what's your project gonna be?
Oh, I don't know. I just really want to go out with a boom. I really want to go out with a bang. I really want to go out with an eruption. I'm trying to hint what it's gonna be.
Oh, can you say those again? I wasn't listening, thinking they were hints.
You can find out tomorrow.
But a boom, and a bang, and a pow. I'm gonna practice my throwing.
Alright, class, I hope you all did your historic disaster project. I'm going to call you up one by one to present your disaster to the class. Now, who wants to go first?
Ooh, can I go first? I promise you'll never forget it.
Okay, Junior, you come up here first.
Yes! Alright, class, my project is on 9/11. September 11th, 2001, 8:46 a.m. American Airlines Flight 11 hits the North Tower. Teacher, can you hand me that? I missed. I was supposed to hit this tower. It's hard to aim. God, how'd they get on the first try twice in a row? God, those are pros. Boom, the first tower gets hit.
Oh, Junior, stop.
9:03 a.m. United Airlines Flight 175 crashes into the South Tower. Oh my God, how good were those fucking pilots? They hire fucking pros? Was Sully Sullenberger, whatever the fuck his name was, doing it? That's why jet fuel doesn't melt steel beams. They had goddamn detonators in that bit. Okay, that's it. Give me the plane. And then somewhere in Pennsylvania. The end.
Very good, Junior. Go sit down.
Beat that, guys.
I mean, 9/11 is a pretty tough act of terrorism to follow.
Teacher, I want to go next. I'm about to make history in this bitch.
All right, Joseph. What's your historic disaster?
I don't want to give it away. Look, all I gotta do is say one sentence. I have a dream. Did y'all get it? It's Martin Luther King. He got his ass assassinated.
All right, very good, Joseph. Go sit down. All right, who wants to go next?
Y'all like that shit, huh?
Joseph, that wasn't fair. That was a really cheap project. All you had to do was be black.
No, that wasn't a cheat code. I had to research what he said and memorize the line. That shit was really hard.
That's not even the speech he got shot during.
Well, Mr. Schmancy Pants, since you know everything, why didn't you dress up like him?
I don't think that would have been a good idea.
Yeah, blackface wouldn't have worked in class.
Wait, why?
Teacher, I'll go next.
Hey everybody, my historic disaster is the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, which destroyed the city of Pompeii. See right there? You have all the hunky Romans in Pompeii just sunbathing, minding their own business, and then, all of a sudden, tragedy strikes. Whoa, there she blows! So as you can see, the molten lava smothered all the hunky Romans and covered them in hot ash. They had hot ash on their hot asses. It was really hot. But 2,000 people did die, though.
Only 2,000 people. You're telling me that big-ass volcano surrounding that entire island couldn't outdo 9/11? Yeah, those are rookie numbers compared to 9/11. And what kind of dumb, stupid disaster is that? All those people saw that volcano erupting and they didn't hop on a plane and fly away. They wanted to die.
Why didn't they get on a plane? Junior, this happened in 79. The year 79. Like, you know how we live in 2025? Well, this volcano erupted in 79. Planes weren't even invented until 1903. If these people saw a plane, they would scratch their fucking eyes out because they wouldn't know what they were looking at. They would lose their minds. They would think it was like some kind of metal dragon or some shit. They would think it was magic. They still believed in magic in 79.
Thank you, Cody.
You're welcome.
Who wants to go next?
Wow, Junior, thanks for interrupting my project. I thought the volcano eruption I did was pretty fucking sick.
I just think that Pompeii is pretty dumb for an actual, like, disaster. Like, they knew they were living next to a volcano. They could have just got up and moved.
Well, no, they didn't know because they didn't know volcanoes existed. They actually didn't even have a word in their language for volcano. They just thought they lived next to a mountain until it exploded and started squirting lava all over the place.
Why didn't they just pull out their phone and check Google Maps to see if they live by a volcano?
It was 79 AD, Junior. They didn't have Google yet. They didn't even have phones.
What? That was before phones?
Way before phones. Most of human history is before phones.
Oh my god, I should have done my project on that. That sounds like a disaster.
Teacher, I'll go next.
All right, class, so I did my project on the worst disaster in the history of the world, the potato famine. Okay, so imagine you have a bunch of this, like you have this, and then you have none of that, and that's all you eat, and so millions of you die. Okay, let me get into detail. Okay, the Great Famine, also known as the Great Hunger, the Famine, and the Irish Potato Famine, was a period of mass starvation.
Did you just say masturbation?
No, Junior, mass starvation.
So they weren't jacking off the potatoes?
No. And disease in Ireland, lasting from 1845 to 1852, that constituted a historical social crisis.
Oh my god, this is so fucking boring.
Dude, she could put anybody to sleep.
I think it's pretty interesting, guys. If you guys pay attention, you might actually learn.
Yes, we're in the
Jesus fucking Christ! No one gives a flying fuck! Look, the potato famine, a bunch of people didn't have any potatoes, so they all starved to death. Go sit down.
Aww.
Anybody else have a project that's not boring as fuck can come up next.
Okay, I'll go next. Let's get this over with. Okay, so this is my historic disaster. It's COVID.
Oh, very clever. But you know my ancestors actually invented the COVID virus. Very good, go sit down. Alright, who wants to go next?
I guess I'm gonna go next. Hi everybody, my historical disaster is the Hindenburg. That was a big blimp full of people and then it caught on fire and it exploded. So this is what happened. Well, it wasn't a guy with a lighter, because he would have to be a really big guy with a big lighter, or a really tiny blimp, and that would be crazy. But this is basically how it went. Wow, we're all having fun in the sky in our big blimp, the Hindenburg. Oh no! Oh, the humanity! Almost everybody died. The end. Isn't that crazy?
Very good. Go sit down. Alright, who wants to go next?
What do you think, ladies? Are they ready for the PJ?
Yeah, PJ, go up there and whip it out.
Yeah, PJ, go show them your project.
Come on.
Hey everybody, are you ready to hear about the coolest disaster in history? The Challenger disaster? Now, I'm cool, but nothing's as cool as the weather was that day. The engineers almost got the launch canceled because they were worried that the record low temperatures would cause the O-rings to fail, but the project manager didn't want to wait until April to launch when the weather got warmer, so they decided to launch anyway. But then, the cold temperatures caused the O-rings to compress and leak hot gas, which ignited the fuel compartment, causing the whole shuttle to explode 73 seconds after launch at an altitude of 46,000 feet, and killing everyone on board, including the first female teacher in space, which was supposed to be Big Bird, but his costume was too big and there were logistical challenges, so he didn't come. Alright, ladies, show them what happened. Kaboom!
Houston, we have a problem.
Not exactly what we practiced, but not bad.
Alright, PJ, very good. Now go sit down. Alright, who wants to go next?
Wait, am I the only one left? You saved the best for last. Alright, my historic disaster is when the meteor hit the earth and made the dinosaurs go extinct. Allow me to demonstrate, but give me a second.
Oh, God damn it, Jeffy! You put a goddamn hole in my wall! But very accurate representation of what happened, so go sit down. Alright, Crass, that does it for the Historic Disaster Project. So, since everyone completed that project, you all get an A.
Wait, but which one of our disasters was the worst?
That's a good question. The meteor killed all the dinosaurs, but the dinosaurs aren't people. And Pompeii killed 2,000, 9/11 killed 2,900. So I guess technically Penelope's boring ass potato famine killed the most because there was 1 million people who died.
Really?
Well, actually, scientifically, theoretically, Bordy wins because COVID killed 7 million people.
Fuck yeah, I didn't even try. I'm good at this school stuff.
Okay, but which one was the coolest disaster?
Junior, none of them are cool. They're all disasters.
You know what was a disaster? You being born.
Wow, that was mean.
Oh, that actually was pretty fucked up. I'm sorry. Wait, actually, I think the coolest disaster technically was PJ's because the O-rings got cold and it exploded.
I mean, that was the coldest, yeah.
You know what else is the coldest? These nuts in your mom's mouth.
Junior, that doesn't even make sense. What, you have cold nuts?
Well, maybe it's cold out there. Maybe I sat on some ice cubes.
Why?
Wait, I don't. Shut up. Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, I am too, Marvin.
What do you guys want for dinner?
I think me and Daddy should get Slurpees.
Ooh, I want a Slurpee.
How would that work?
We're not getting Slurpees for dinner, guys. We need actual food.
Marvin, if you go get Slurpees, can I have a blue one?
Oh, I want mine to be blonde.
I mean, I guess I could get a red one.
Oh, Daddy likes redheads? Hell yeah.
All right, let's go to the gas station, Jeff, and get Slurpees.
The gas station to get Slurpees?
I mean, that's the closest place. We're not going all the way to the movies to get a Slurpee.
You're telling me we can get slurped off at the movie theater? Let's go do that.
Oh, no, we're not going to go spend all that money to watch a movie just to get a Slurpee. Let's just get them at the gas station. They're cheaper.
Okay, Daddy. Whatever you say. You're the expert.
Come on.
Remember, I want a blue one.
Daddy, this is not what I had in mind when I said I wanted a Slurpee.
What'd you have in mind?
I wanted strong mouth game from a lot lizard.
That would be $3 for these slushies.
Well, I have exactly $3, so it's my lucky day. Oh, God, you stink.
Give me money.
No, get back, stinktard.
Oh, come on, Daddy, be nice. He needs money, so give him some money.
No, Jeffy, if I give him money, it'll enable him to not have a job.
Well, no, Daddy. Put yourself in his shoes. What if you were like him?
Okay, fine, you can have $1.
All of it.
Well, oh, wow, you give a little and they take a lot.
Oh my god, that was the nicest thing I had ever seen. You know what? You can have the slushies for free, my friend.
You see that, Daddy? When you do something nice, you get shit. Now let's go in the parking lot and see if we can get sucked off.
Oh, I've never had anything free before. Thank you, sir. All right, Jeffy, how's that Slurpee?
Don't you dare call it that, getting my hopes up. This slushy is mediocre at best. The Slurpee that I was expecting would have been tier.
Jeffy, shut up. Wait, what was on the road? Daddy, look out! What? Was that a body?
It looked like it, Daddy.
Okay, let me go see what that is. Oh my God, it is a body. Sir?
Where am I?
You're laying in the middle of the road.
How did I get here?
I have no idea, but I can call an ambulance or the cops.
Maybe you could have given me a ride home.
Oh, give you a ride home? I only have 2 seats in my car.
You have seats in the back, Daddy.
Oh, you piece of shit. Get in the car, Jeffy.
Come on, Daddy, do the right thing.
Okay, listen, I can give you a ride to your house, but you have to let me drop these Slurpees off at my house.
Slushies.
You have to let me drop these slushies off at my house.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right, come on. You sit in the back. All right, everybody in the car?
Yes, sir.
No.
Jeffy, you are in the car.
Well, I'm a liar, so.
All right, let's get going.
Maybe we could have turned on some music. Possibly the radio?
Oh, yeah, I'll turn that on for you.
I'll turn it on for you.
No, I was getting to it.
No, you weren't, Jeffy.
Yes, I was.
How's that?
Oh, very nice. I like this station.
All right, let's go, guys.
Bodies hit the floor, bitch, bodies hit the floor. Have him swimming in his blood while he crawling on the floor. Boom, 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 boom. Bullets
Okay, we are home.
Oh, wow. That's a big house.
Thanks.
My daddy doesn't make the house payment, and we're on the verge of eviction.
Jeffy, do not tell people our personal business. Okay, so I'm going to take my wife in her blue Slurpee.
Slushy.
Her blue slushie. So I'm going to leave you guys in the car, okay? So Jeffy, you keep an eye on him. You do not leave him alone in the car, okay?
Okay.
No, swear to me you will not leave this car.
Daddy, I swear on your life, I will not leave this car.
Okay, good.
All right, Bing Bong, so check it. I gotta use the bathroom, so you stay right here, okay?
Okay, I will stay right here.
Promise me you will not leave this car.
I promise I will not leave this car.
All right, cool. I'm out this bitch. Oh, not my problem.
All right, baby, here's your blue Slurpee.
Aw, thank you, Marvin, but it's a little melted.
Yeah, it was a long story. So I'm at the gas station, and this homeless guy asked me for money, and I say, ew.
Marvin, that's not very nice.
I know, Jeffy said it wasn't nice. So Jeffy tells me to give the homeless guy money, so I give the homeless guy money, and the gas station attendant thinks we're so nice, he gives us the Slurpees for free.
Oh, that's great, Marvin.
Yeah, so it felt good doing something nice, so I'm on the drive home, and I see this Asian man laying in the road.
What?
Yeah, and so I get out of my car, and he asks if I can give him a ride home. So I'm like, sure, because I want to do something nice, because maybe something nice will come from that. So the Asian man is sitting in the car with Jeffy right now.
Wait, what, Marvin? You left him alone with an Asian guy that you don't know?
Okay, the Asian guy is like 80 years old, and he just needs a ride home, and I have Jeffy watching him. Everything's fine.
But what if something bad happens to Jeffy?
Nothing bad will happen to Jeffy.
What's up, Daddy?
Jeffy, you swore on my life you would not leave the car.
Well, it looks like you're fucked.
What, Jeffy, you really left that Asian guy in the car with it running?
No, Daddy, he's going to the bathroom right now.
Okay, good. I thought you left him in the car. I didn't want him to steal my car.
Yeah, that'd be fucked.
Marvin, I don't know how I feel about a stranger in the house.
Listen, he's like 80 years old. He's just using the bathroom. He doesn't even know where he's at. So look, I'm just going to get him real quick, and I'm going to take him to his house.
What if he lives at Chuck E. Cheese? Can I go?
He doesn't live at Chuck E. Cheese.
How do you know? Were you in the car? Did you talk to him? Because I talked to him, and he told me he lived at Chuck E. Cheese.
He does not live at Chuck E. Cheese.
Yes, he does.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to go ask him. Which bathroom is he in?
That one.
Okay, I'm going to go see. Hey, excuse me, buddy. I know you're using the bathroom in there, but my son says you live at Chuck E. Cheese. Is that true? You live at Chuck E. Cheese? I'm coming in. I just want to know if you live at Chuck E. Cheese. Jeffy, he's not in this bathroom!
Yeah, the other bathroom.
Oh, okay. Hey, my son says you live at Chuck E. Cheese. Is that true? Jeffy, he's not in this bathroom either!
The other one.
Okay. Oh, he better be in this one.
Jesus Christ! Privacy, donkey!
Sorry, Jeffy told me that there was an Asian man in here.
What? No, donkey, but since you're in here, would you like to wipe?
No, I'm not gonna wipe.
All right, cross the cross.
Jeffy, he is not in any of the bathrooms.
Maybe he finished. Something I didn't get to do trying to get a Slurpee at the gas station. My balls are as blue as mommy's drink.
Jeffy, seriously, he's not in any of the bathrooms. Where is he?
Well, he did say he was hungry.
So he could be in the kitchen, but if he lives at Chuck E. Cheese, why would he be hungry?
I don't know. Maybe the pizza's not good. Maybe we should try it. Maybe we should go to Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh, listen, I'm gonna go check the kitchen. If he's not in there, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, this spaghetti-o smell delicious.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, I'm looking for someone.
Hey, Marvin, my spaghetti-o man. Look who came in town, everybody. A hungry hippo. Hey, you want a scoop of spaghetti-os? I know you hungry. You ain't ate in days. Oh, wait. Big bowl or small bowl? Which one are you? You're a big bowl boy, ain't you?
I do not want any SpaghettiOs.
I'll go ahead and feed you some SpaghettiOs. You starving, boy.
I do not want any SpaghettiOs.
You don't want any more scoops? How can you turn down Chef Pee-Pee's SpaghettiOs. What the hell is wrong with you?
Listen, have you seen an 80-year-old Asian man walking around the kitchen?
What the fuck? No. Where would he be?
Listen, I picked up this Asian man and I let him in the house to use the bathroom.
Why would you let him in the house and just leave him wandering around in the house? That's stupid.
Well, listen, I can't find him and I didn't know if you saw him.
No, I have not seen an Asian man walking around here. I definitely would have noticed him with chopsticks, Marvin. Look, if you left a random man walking around in the house, you better call the police. He could be stealing something out of the trash can or something.
Oh, you're right. If I can't find him, he's probably trying to grab all our valuable stuff.
Mm-hmm. You know how my kitchen appliances are.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go call the cops.
Thank you, God.
Oh man, I guess I'm gonna have to call the cops.
What? Why?
Because he's not in any of the bathrooms, he's not in the kitchen.
Well, did he go back to the car?
Maybe he went back to the car after he used the bathroom.
I'll go check for you, Daddy.
Yeah, Jeffy, can you go downstairs and check and see if he went back to the car?
Sure, Daddy, I'll do that. I wouldn't want you walking down all those stairs with your old knees.
Oh, okay, just let me know if he's in there. I really hope he went back to the car. Nope, not here. Ooh, Jeffy, was he out there?
No.
What, you swear he wasn't out there?
I swear, Daddy, he was not outside.
What, you swear to me earlier and you lied.
No, Daddy, this time I'm not even playing. I swear he was not outside.
Oh my God, so if he's not back in the car, that means he's somewhere in the house and he's probably stealing shit or maybe he's trying to be a squatter. Maybe he's in the attic. Okay, that's it. I am calling the cops. Hello?
Hey there, somebody call the cops?
Yes, so I kind of have a really, really weird issue.
Oh, well, you know, when you get to be our age, that just kind of happens. It's nothing to be embarrassed about, you know, it just doesn't work as good as it used to. I mean, they make pills for that, and sometimes they work, and sometimes they don't.
That's not my issue.
Oh, well, me neither. What's your problem?
Okay, so it's kind of a long story.
Oh, I don't have time for long stories. I didn't take my ADHD medicine today, so keep it short.
Okay, so how do I make this short? So I was at the gas station, and I gave this homeless guy money, and then I got in my car.
Who drew that?
What?
Who drew that on the door frame?
That was Jeffy.
Oh, why do you do that?
It was like in his first video.
His first video?
Or like the remake.
Oh.
Listen, I was at the gas station, and I gave, okay, I'm trying to make it short. Homeless guy money give.
Okay, this is much better. I can follow this.
Yeah, car, road, guy pick up. And then, long story short, there's an 80-year-old Asian man lost in my house.
Okay, I actually might want to hear the long version because I have a lot of questions. I feel like you left out some important details.
Okay, so I'm driving in the car, and I see this Asian man laying in the road. And I ask him if he's okay. He needs me to take him to his house, but I need to drop the Slurpees off. So I go inside to drop the Slurpees off, and then he gets lost in my house.
So let me see if I have this right. You just got a stranger off the street, and you let him into your house, and you just lost track of him?
I did not let him in my house. I left him in the car. My son let him in the house because he had to use the bathroom.
Okay, still, he ended up in your house.
Yes, but listen, I just thought he had to use the bathroom. Now I can't find him. Now he's lost.
Okay, well, this doesn't really sound like an emergency. This sounds like you're a sore loser at hide and seek.
Well, no, I don't want him hiding in my house. I've checked all the bathrooms. I've checked the kitchen. He's literally nowhere, and he's 80 years old, so I know he can't fit in any tight places.
Oh, yep, you're right. I mean, squeezing into things is a young man's game. I just don't know what you want me to do that you haven't done.
Well, you're a cop. You're better at looking for things, so I thought maybe you could look around the house. Because you guys find drugs, and you guys find bombs.
I will come in for a few minutes, okay? I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna come in.
Who's at the door, Marvin?
The cops, because I called them.
Oh, what's he doing?
Looking for the missing Asian guy.
What missing Asian guy? Oh, that guy! I forgot.
What? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Look what I found!
You found him?
Dinner!
Wait, you didn't find the Asian guy?
Nope, but what I did find is a big-ass bowl of SpaghettiOs.
Wait, no, you're supposed to be looking for the Asian guy.
Look, I looked all over this house. He's not here, okay?
Well, did you look in the attic?
Daddy, why is the police officer man eating SpaghettiOs out of my poop bowl?
Poop bowl?
Yeah, it's the bowl I poop in. I keep it beside my bed because sometimes at night when I'm lazy and I don't want to go to the bathroom, I'll just pull my pants down, shit off the side of the bed into this bowl. And then sometimes when I'm really lazy, I'll just shit in my hand and just drop it into the bowl.
Alright, he's not in the attic, so I'm gonna get back to my...
I wouldn't eat out of that bowl.
Oh yeah? Because you want all the SpaghettiOs to yourself, huh? Well, not gonna happen.
Oh my God, I can't...
How's that taste, buddy?
Tastes kind of weird, honestly.
Yeah, like poop?
Yeah, actually.
Okay, listen, if we can't find him, what does that mean?
It means he's not here.
Okay, well, you checked the attic, you checked all around the house. Is there a chance that maybe he walked back outside and laid back in the road?
Yes, that's probably exactly what happened.
Okay, good.
Good, yeah. Hold on, I'm getting a call. It's my work phone.
Why does your phone look like that?
They don't want us texting. Hello? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ugh, alright, bye. Ugh, my wife's making meatloaf for dinner, so I'm gonna keep eating these SpaghettiOs. What? Now I'm getting a call on my walkie-talkie. Is it Spider-Man?
Attention all units, there's a hot speed high-speed chase, an old Asian man driving a black Camaro. Proceed with caution.
Whoa, you guys hear that? There's a black Camaro and a high-speed chase being driven by an Asian man. Well, he can't be your Asian man, because that guy didn't have a car. But anyway, I'm gonna go join that chase. But I am gonna take these with me.
What? If I go look in that fucking driveway, is my black Camaro there?
Yeah.
You fucking swear?
Mm-hmm.
So what happens if it's not?
No, it is.
It fucking better be there.
Mm-hmm. Mommy, I'm a liar. I lied.
Jeffy.
I know. I'm a stinker. Be you.
Where the fuck is he?
He's hiding.
Oh, where is he? Jeffy, you come out right now!
I don't want you to hit me.
Oh, I'm doing way.
Guys, what do you want to do today? Oh, dude, let's watch some cartoons.
Oh, yeah, let's watch SpongeBob.
Oh, yeah.
But the earlier seasons, those are the better ones.
Yeah, the best.
Yeah, okay, guys, we can watch that. Just don't tell my parents.
What?
Why?
Well, I'm not allowed to watch SpongeBob because my parents say it's too inappropriate.
Too inappropriate? It's SpongeBob.
Dude, it's just a cartoon.
He lives in a pineapple under the sea.
Yeah, see, they don't like any of that. They think it's real, and they don't like that he's down there doing all that. Oh, and they also don't like that he steals women's underwear in that one episode.
Oh, dude, it's my favorite episode.
It's a really good episode, and it turns out Mr. Krabs steals his own mom's underwear.
Nasty.
Yeah, and that's the first episode they saw, so they think that's all he does, is there's just a real sponge on the bottom of the ocean that steals women's underwear.
Oh. Well, that's kind of lame. He's a goofy goober.
Yeah, they don't like that either. They don't like that he got drunk on ice cream, and they're not even mad that he got drunk. It's just that they're mad that there's alcoholic ice cream on the bottom of the ocean. They don't like any of that.
Okay, well, we won't tell your parents that you're watching SpongeBob.
Okay, sure, let's watch it. Check this out.
Daddy!
Oh, don't cry, Pearl. Daddy's gonna make it all right.
I just don't understand why nobody wants to do the whack with me.
I'll figure it out. SpongeBob, get in here, me boy.
Yes, Mr. Krabs?
I need you to do me a favor.
What is it, Mr. Krabs?
You see, me beautiful daughter Pearl, well, she be lonely, and she's never been with a man, so I need you to,
Make her a Krabby Patty?
No! I need you to toss me daughter salad.
But we don't serve salad at the Krusty Krab.
No, I need you to, butter her biscuit.
We don't serve biscuits either. Ay.
Mr. Krabs, can I have a job? Patrick, just who I was looking for. Of course you can have a job. I need you to, jump me daughter's bones. You need me to beat up a skeleton? No, I need you to give her your sea cucumber, me boy. But I already ate half of it. Mr. Squidward, get in here. What, Mr. Krabs? I'm about to go on break. I need you to do something with that nose of yours.
Oh, I love SpongeBob.
He's hilarious.
See, this is what my parents were talking about. It's inappropriate.
There's nothing inappropriate about that, Cody. That's funny. That's just a cartoon.
Yeah, dude, that's humor. Laugh.
Yeah, I guess so.
Whoa, guys, look, shut up.
Try the new SpongeBob Krabby Patty Meal at Wendy's.
Wow! Look at that goober box!
Only for a limited time only.
Dude, we have to get that. Oh my God, Cody, you see the Krabby Patty meal?
Yeah, that's a pretty cool idea.
It's an awesome idea. I want a SpongeBob goober box.
Dude, I want a goober box. I'm the ultimate goober.
No, I'm a goofy goober.
I'm a goofy goober.
I'm the goofiest goober.
I'm the super goober.
I'm the goofiest goober goofy.
No way, I'm the goofiest goober of a goober.
I'm a goober.
Guys, you're both goofy goobers.
Thank you.
We try our best.
All right, so let's get Chef Pee-Pee to take us to the Gooberville.
You mean Wendy's?
Yeah. Chef Pee-Pee, get in here!
What do you brats want?
We're not brats, Chef Pee-Pee, we're goobers.
Well, what do you goobers want?
Can you take us to Wendy's so we can get the SpongeBob Krabby Patty meal?
No, I'm not taking you to Wendy's.
But Chef Pee-Pee, we want to know what the SpongeBob Krabby Patty tastes like.
Look, I'll go to Wendy's myself and get your stupid Krabby Patty meal. Look, I just like to drive alone in the car where I don't have to hear brats screaming in my ears.
Goobers.
Well, goobers, damn it!
Okay, so get 3 Krabby Patty meals from Wendy's.
Okay, fine. I'll get your stupid Krabby Patty meals.
Guys, what do you think the Krabby Patty's gonna taste like?
It's probably just gonna be like a normal Dave single.
Who the hell is Dave?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
Well, that's what they call their burger at Wendy's. It's just like a regular burger.
It's not gonna be a regular burger, Cody. It's gonna be a Krabby Patty. Everyone's whole life, they want to know what a Krabby Patty tastes like. It's gonna taste like a Krabby Patty.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be pretty epic. Ooh, what if they have jelly on it like that one episode?
Oh, Cody, do you think they're gonna have jellyfish jelly on the Krabby Patty?
No, they didn't show that. It just looked like a normal burger.
Ooh, what about the pickles underneath?
I'm gonna take a bite of mine. I'm gonna hide the pickles under my tongue, and I'm gonna go, still no pickles.
Oh,
It's like bubble bath.
Well, Well, I'm really glad you guys are excited. I love that for you guys.
No, it's gonna be so fun. In the pineapple frosty.
Oh, yes. All right, Junior, here's your Krabby Patty meals.
Chef Baby, what the fuck?
What? What did I do wrong?
Did you order the Krabby Patty meals?
Yes, it's right here. They're in the bags. What are you talking about?
Chef Baby, these are just a regular Wendy's bag. Where's the SpongeBob with the Goober box?
What the hell? No Goober box. It's in the bag. Your Krabby Patty meals are in the bag. I got what you asked.
I think you ordered the wrong thing. I don't think you ordered the Krabby Patty meal.
No, I got exactly what you asked. I said to the lady at the window, "Get me the Krabby Patty meals, 3 of them."
But there's no Goober box. Where's the SpongeBob? Hey, there's no SpongeBob on the bag. How would anyone know this is a Krabby Patty meal? There's nothing that says SpongeBob. Cody, do you see anything that says SpongeBob?
No, it just looks like Wendy's.
Look, I don't know what to tell you. They didn't offer a Goober box. I just got the meals that you asked, okay?
Okay, I'm the bitch at the drive-thru. Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Would you like to try a SpongeBob Krabby Patty meal?
Yes, please. Can I have 3 of them?
Okay, and would you like the Goober Super Goober box?
What the hell? No, they didn't offer a Goober box, Junior.
So you're telling me she handed you this brown fucking bag at the drive-thru, and you said, "Yep, that's acceptable to me. That is a Krabby Patty meal."
Yeah, that's what you will put a meal in, a damn brown bag. Yes.
But it's not supposed to be in a brown bag. On the commercial, right, Cody? It showed a SpongeBob Goober box.
Yeah, it looked kind of cool.
Yeah, there was supposed to be SpongeBob on the box. His SpongeBob's face. Supposed to be SpongeBob fry holders. Supposed to be SpongeBob.
Well, look, nigga, I don't work at Wendy's. I got the meal. Look, just eat it, okay?
Yeah, why don't we just eat the goddamn burgers?
Please eat the damn burger.
Oh, okay, I'll eat the Krabby Patty. This is not a Krabby Patty. Guys, what the fuck?
Dude, this was not made with love.
Yeah, like I said, this is just a regular old Dave single.
Good? What the fuck?
Whoa, Junior, calm down.
I'm not gonna calm down. What the fuck is this?
Dude, that's a fair crash out, because what the hell is this?
You're telling me for years and years and years people want to know what a Krabby Patty tastes like, and finally SpongeBob gives the rights to the Krabby Patty to a fucking fast food restaurant, and they give it to bum-ass, fuck-ass Wendy's, and this is what they do? Like, this is what they do? Like, Cody, be honest. Be real. If you were a regular person walking by and you saw this, do you think it's a SpongeBob meal? Does anything say SpongeBob?
No, actually, it just looks like Wendy's.
Does anything say Krabby Patty?
No, the only thing I would question is maybe the drink, but that's mostly because it looks gross. It looks like they mixed it wrong.
Wendy's didn't fucking try. Like, they seriously didn't try. Look, there's no SpongeBob wrapping paper on the burger. There's no SpongeBob fry holder. There's no SpongeBob box. In the commercial, they showed a SpongeBob box. I didn't get no SpongeBob box. I didn't get no Goober box.
Bro, I do not feel like a damn goober. I'm a depressed ass goober.
I do not feel like a goofy ass goober. They literally did not try. Like, how do you not try? Look at this. That's a square patty. In the SpongeBob show, it's a circle patty. But that's a square patty. Why, Cody?
Well, maybe they were thinking because SpongeBob's pants are square, the patty should be...
Fuck off, Cody!
I don't know.
Ass! That's ass! No! Not one episode of the fucking patty square, and if they are, then I'm sorry for not being fact-checked, but swear to God, they're usually circle. Why did they not go to McDonald's? Why did SpongeBob not go to McDonald's? There's no way fuck Wendy's has more money than McDonald's.
Man, McDonald's is superior. They're the PS5 of all fast foods.
Yeah, PS5, I guess.
Yeah, PS5. Yeah. Top tier.
Okay. Well, then Wendy's is the Sega Genesis of fast food.
Yeah, Sega ass nigga.
Sure. Yeah.
I don't know if that's a bad console. Back on track. Main point is Wendy's did not give 2 fucks. Wendy said, "We really need money. SpongeBob, please let us fucking advertise your Krabby Patty." And this is some bum ass shit right here. This is some bum shit. You know McDonald's? They did the adult Happy Meal and they had the box and Happy Meals, McDonald's Happy Meals. Every week they change out those fucking toys. Yeah. And you know what they could have done? If SpongeBob would have went to McDonald's, there would have been the actual like Krabby Patty like box, and there would have been a Krusty Krab box, and there would have been a SpongeBob toy and a Squidward toy and a Patrick toy and a Mr. Krabs toy, and there probably would have been a Plankton toy. And if you got the Plankton toy, your fucking Krabby Patty was missing. That'd be so cool. Everyone would be like, "Oh man, I hope my Krabby Patty's missing. Oh, I hope I want the Plankton fucking toy."
I would have definitely got it.
No, it's so stupid. Like, and you know what's crazy? There's no sesame seed bun. In the Krabby Patty formula, there's a sesame seed bun. But you know what does have a sesame seed bun? A Big Mac at McDonald's. McDonald's has all the fucking ingredients. You give it to Wendy's? What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Like, literally, square, no fucking wrapping, no try, no effort. I'm suing. I'm gonna sue. I'm gonna hire a lawyer, and I'm gonna fucking sue Wendy's for false advertising. Because there's no fucking Krabby Patty meal. You can't just fucking make a regular goddamn Dave's fucking single and put mayonnaise on it and say it's a fucking Krabby Patty. It's some bullshit, Cody. It's some fucking bullshit. Say it's not.
No, it is bullshit.
That's not bullshit. I want to be a goofy ass fucking goober.
Yeah, me too.
I was so happy for the goober meal. This is goober my ass.
Hey there, somebody call a lawyer?
I did.
Oh, you kids enjoying some Wendy's?
Enjoying is the opposite word I'm experiencing.
Oh, what's wrong? Did you find a finger in your food or something?
I actually would have rather found a finger in my food. That would have been fucking cool. I've been like, ooh, I got the zombie meal because it's close to Halloween. But no, that's not it.
Well, what's wrong?
Well, I have a question for you. If you had to guess what we ordered from Wendy's, what would you guess?
Well, I'd say probably a number one. Just a Dave single, pretty standard stuff.
What would you do if I told you that this was actually the SpongeBob Krabby Patty meal?
Oh, yeah, I heard about that. Is it good?
Well, I mean, you look at it. I mean, do you see anything SpongeBob? Do you see any Krabby Patties?
Oh, now that you mention it, no, it doesn't say anything SpongeBob on it.
That's why I want to sue Wendy's for false advertising, because apparently this is the Krabby Patty Krusty Krab Goober meal, and there's literally no SpongeBob, no nothing, and that's false advertising. That's fucked up. That is fucked up. They can do that.
Oh, okay. Well, let me go on TikTok and do some research, and I'll get back to you.
I hope we have a case.
Hey kids, so I found these videos on TikTok of people who maybe got the experience you were looking for. See, this guy's got the box and like a cup there. Is that what you wanted?
What? He got the goober box! How'd you get the goober box?
I don't know, but it does seem like a few people got it. See, he's got the fry box.
What? Joseph, look at it! He's got the goofy goober box!
Dude, I want the goofy goober box!
Wait a minute. Oh, hell no. Chef Pee-Pee ordered the wrong fucking thing. I knew he didn't order the right thing.
He's a damn idiot.
Chef Pee-Pee, get your ass in here now!
Junior, don't you ever call my name like that again or I'll beat your fuck ass.
Well, maybe I'm not a stupid ass dumb chef like you because you definitely did not order the Krabby Patty meal, Chef Pee-Pee.
Yes, the hell I did. What are you talking about?
Well, look at these TikToks. Look, these people got the goober box. Look, these people got the SpongeBob box. Look, that's SpongeBob's face on a box. Why are they having a goober time? Why am I not a goober?
I don't know. Look, I can't control what the lady hands me, okay?
Well, I just don't understand because you swear on your life that you ordered 3 Krabby Patty meals.
Yes, I did. I ordered exactly what you told me to order. 3 Krabby Patty meals.
Then why the hell did they hand us these bum-ass brown bags and these people have the goober boxes? These people have the Krabby Patty meals.
I don't know, Junior. This is out of my hands.
Hey, I'd just like to point out that even if they gave you the right box, that's still the product you would have gotten, and that's not a Krabby Patty.
It's not a Krabby Patty, but I would have felt a little bit better if I opened up a SpongeBob box. I could have kept the box. I could have said, oh, this is so cool. Honestly, it probably would have tasted differently if it came in a SpongeBob box, so I still want to sue.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
Oh, I hate Wendy's. I fucking hate them.
I fucking hate you.
So what is all this about?
Well, you see, I have a client in Florida that wants to sue you because he's disappointed with his Krabby Patty meal. See, he didn't get the special box or the packaging or any of that, and the burger just doesn't even look like a Krabby Patty.
I understand.
Hey, mind if I butt in?
Ronald, what are you doing here?
I came to watch the shit show. I mean, wow. Just wow. You really screwed the pooch on this one, Wendy. I mean, you had a layup with Michael freaking Jordan on your team, and you decided to shoot the half-court shot? Let me tell you how I would have done.
Oh, here we go.
Hush. Firstly, every single meal would come with a Krusty Krab-shaped box.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
Don't encourage him.
Hush! You open that shit up, and you pull out a Krabby Patty. I'm talking a double quarter patty with cheese meal. Sesame seed bun is shit! Every meal would come with their own kelp fries, just normal fries, who gives a shit? And every meal would come with the Diet Dr. Kelp, Dr. Pepper. And we would forget it every single time for the joke!
Listen,
you don't know what that is!
Frosties are delicious!
Frosties? Yeah, they're delicious if you like the taste of piss!
Oh.
You tell me, what episode of SpongeBob did he ever sell a pineapple Frosty?
There isn't one.
There isn't one! And let's talk about the toys. Every McDonald's meal will come with a toy. Do you know what that is?
No.
No, she doesn't! Unless you're talking about the toys in the bedside dresser. I'm talking Mr. SpongeBob Square-Box. I'm talking Squiddy, Mr. Crab, Plankton, all those toys. And if you get the Plankton meal, you don't get a burger because he stole it. And they wouldn't care. They'd be happy because they got the toy. And then they'd have to go back to McDonald's and buy another meal.
Do you see how ridiculous this is? He doesn't even know the names of the characters!
Yeah, I don't know the names of the characters. Anyway, you go talk to Nickelodeon. And you tell them when they want it done right, Daddy's right here, baby. Yeah.
Please, whatever you do, go to Burger King first.
Burger King, my ass! That's all. That's all.
Listen, tell your client we're going to get these boxes and bags and everything out to our clients and our restaurants as soon as possible. So just please don't do anything with him. Please, he's an asshole. I can't stand him.
Okay, I'll let him know. Hey, so Wendy says give them a few weeks and they might have some goober boxes.
That's gonna be so stupid. Everyone else has already been a Goofy Goober, and we didn't get any of the Goofy Goober boxes. Guys, post a comment if you got the SpongeBob box, because we tried every fucking location near us, and like even an hour away, and no one had the SpongeBob box. No one. It's fucking stupid, dumb.
Look, Simmons, all I'm saying is if Tyrese Halliburton wouldn't have torn his Achilles, Indiana would have won.
I don't know, mate.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm new here. Where am I supposed to go?
Jonathan, what the hell are you doing in the Air Force?
I wanted to be a part of the few and the proud.
That's the Marines, Jonathan.
Oh, well, at least I can still tell hot babes that I fly a fighter jet.
They're not gonna let you fly a fighter jet right away. You have to learn how to do that.
I already know how to do that. I play Microsoft Flight Simulator.
Okay, well, it's still gonna be a long time before they let you fly a fighter jet.
Okay, well, I can still tell hot babes that I'm a pilot. Watch and learn. Hey there, my name's Johnny.
Oh my god!
What the hell, Jonathan? Why did you spit in her face?
I didn't mean to spit in her face. I just missed. Oh, who is that?
Oh, that's Brandon. Used to be Brandy.
I only joined so I could transition.
Oh, so hot. What does transition mean?
It means she has a dick, Jonathan.
Oh, and balls?
Well, I don't know about the balls.
Hey, do you have balls?
Don't ask her about her balls.
Oh, sorry. I need a bathroom right now.
All right, boys. I'm afraid I got some slightly urgent news for you.
What's the matter, sir?
Well, it looks like Iran went ahead and launched a nuclear missile at us.
Wait, like right now?
Yes, right now. It's about to hit New York City in about 5 minutes. Turn that shit into a parking lot.
Well, sir, we should probably shoot it down.
Yeah, normally we would, but our entire missile defense is out at lunch right now. The line at Chick-fil-A is wrapped around the building, and there's no way they're getting out of line because they already paid, so that'd be a waste of money. And they still gotta pick up my lunch, and they better not forget my frozen lemonade, goddammit.
Sir, I just think it's really dangerous that our entire missile defense goes to lunch at the same time.
Well, we didn't think the Iranians would guess our secret confidential lunchtime. I mean, 2:30 is a pretty late lunch. Nobody would have guessed that. It must have leaked.
Still can't believe that my buddies at Missile Defense's lunchtime is at 2:30 while mine is at 12. I just think we should all have the same lunchtime. Post.
Well, the only way we're gonna stop that missile is if one of you boys hops in a fighter jet, flies up to 30,000 feet, smashes right into that sumbitch. Sure, you're gonna die, but you'll be saving America. You'll be an American hero. So who wants to do it? Who wants to die for America?
I'll do it.
I'll do it, sir.
No, I'll do it, sir.
I'll do it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Ooh, that is so many volunteers. Wow, that's great. I would love to do it, but I actually have a dentist appointment tomorrow, and I can't cancel again because I keep canceling. And they say they're going to drop me as a patient if I cancel one more time, so I don't think I'm going to be able to do it, sir.
I can tell you all want to be American heroes, so hey, we live in a democracy, so let's do it that way. Let's make it a raffle. I'll get a hat and put all your names in there, and whoever I draw gets to die for America.
Oh, but not me though, because of the appointment, like I said.
All right, I'll go get the hat and put everybody's name in.
Well, not everybody though, because not me, because of the appointment.
All right, I got the hat with everybody's name in it.
But not mine though, right? Because I have a dentist appointment?
Well, of course yours is in there, guy. You're our best pilot.
But see, that's the thing, is you don't want to lose your best pilot, because if you want to retaliate, you want to have a good pilot, right? So it should really be somebody else, because, I mean, clearly everybody else really wants to do it.
Nuh-uh, guy, we're doing this fair and square. So whoever's name I pull out of this hat, that's who gets to die for America.
Oh, please don't beat me. Please don't beat me. I'll start going to church, God, please don't beat me.
It's Bobby!
Oh, thank the fuck.
Oh, wow, congrats, Bobby!
Way to go, Bobby!
It'll be my honor to die for my country.
Oh, thank God. I mean, I don't even have a dentist appointment. I was just trying to be the biggest pussy.
Bobby, why is your name in the hat twice?
'Cause I snuck it in there twice so I could be a hero.
Bobby, you're disqualified for cheating.
Well, I think mine is actually in there 4 times.
No, I think I only see it in there once.
But, I mean, Bobby clearly wants to do it, right? Because he cheated it. It should really be Bobby.
No, we're gonna have to draw again. And whoever I draw this time is really dying for their country. It's Brooklyn Guy. Fuck me. I don't want to die.
Whoa, congrats, big bro.
Congratulations, Brooklyn Guy.
I'll suck you off.
Oh, lucky.
Congratulations, mate. You're gonna be a hero.
Thank
thank you! Thank you so much, everybody! It's my honor to die!
Well, at least you'll get a Purple Heart.
Oh, great! They can pin it to my fucking grave, because I'm not gonna be alive to see it! Sir, can we please talk about this? I think maybe you should keep drawing names, and then whoever gets last, that's who gets to die for their country. That seems fair.
No, guy, the hat picked you.
But, sir, this isn't fucking Harry Potter. I have a daughter, and I have a wife, and I know I lied about the dentist appointment, but I really do have one coming up in like 6 months, because I think I have a cavity, because whenever I eat and I bite down, my tooth hurts.
Guy, quit rambling, okay? You're gonna get in that F-22, and you're gonna fly right into that missile. Now go!
Jonathan!
Attention, all single ladies and MILFs. My brother is gonna die an American war hero. Here's a link to my Tinder and my Hinge post. Hey there, so you know that guy that's gonna die an American war hero? That's my brother. Why don't you suck this nutsack?
Ew, no!
Jonathan, I really need to talk to you.
Oh, hey, what's up, bro? I just want you to know that I am so proud of you for wanting to die an American hero. And your wife, Karen? Don't worry, I'll take care of her. I'll take real good care of her. Like if she's ever missing you and she wants to do stuff to you, I'll have her do whatever she wants to do to you, to me. Like if she wants to throw that ass back, like all up on me, I'm not gonna like it, but I'll let her do it. But I'm not gonna like it, even if she just keeps throwing that ass back on me. Like, oh, damn, girl. I'm not gonna like it. I mean, I might like it a little bit. Also, I maxed out my credit cards on edible thongs. The butt part, cherry flavor.
Okay, well, you don't even have to worry about that, because I actually just talked to the chief, and keep your voice down. Don't let anybody hear this, but he wants you to fly the jet into the nuke.
Oh, but he picked your name out of that!
Shh, quiet. That was just for show for everybody else, because he didn't want them to think that he was showing favoritism, okay? But he wants it to be you.
Oh, well. Maybe I should go talk to him.
No, don't talk to him, because he said he doesn't want to see you, because he's going to feel bad about making you do this.
But why would he pick me?
Well, because with your glasses, you look like Harry Potter, so he knows you're the chosen one.
But it's only my first day on the job.
Well, it's okay, you can still do it.
But I don't know how to fly a jet.
Oh, of course you do. You did the Microsoft Flight Simulator thing, right?
I lied so I could get land.
Well, it doesn't even matter. You don't even need to know how to land, okay? You're gonna crash anyway.
I really should go talk to him.
No, don't talk to him. He specifically said he doesn't want to see your face.
But Brooklyn guy, I don't want to die a virgin.
Oh, don't worry about that. I heard that when you get up there, there's 72 virgins.
72 virgins?
Yeah.
Well, it's going to be 73 when I get up there.
Yeah, exactly. So the jet is that way, and if anybody asks, just tell them your name is my name.
Do any of them have wieners?
Sure, whatever you want, buddy.
Okay, I'll do it. But let me make a post real quick.
No,
No
more tweets.
But my 104 verified Iranian followers.
I will tell them, okay? We just can't let them know it's coming.
Okay. I'll do it.
Okay, so go. I'm getting the fuck out of here. I'm going home.
Oh, Boydie, how was your day working at the military?
Yeah, it was okay. A little stressful.
Oh, Boydie, my day was stressful. Speaking of that, are you going to ask me about it?
Oh, I can't imagine what could be so stressful.
Okay, so listen, Boydie. I woke up today at about 12:30 in the afternoon, okay? And I decided to make the bed.
Oh, wow. That's a big ask.
Yes, but listen, Boydie, this is what happened. So whenever I would pull down the fitted sheet over one of the corners, it would pop up on the other side. So I had to keep running back and forth, and by the time I finished, Boydie, I was just so tired that I had to take a nap, and I messed up the bed again, and I just didn't make it again.
Wow, that does sound really stressful.
It was, Boydie.
Did any part of your day make you almost die?
Oh, it's so funny you should ask, Boydie, because when I got hungry, I decided to make pizza bagels, but when I bit into them, it was still cold. Boydie, I could have died from raw pizza bagels.
Oh, thank God that didn't happen.
It had pepperoni on them, Boydie, raw pepperoni.
Oh, raw pepperoni?
I could have died from salmonella.
Oh, that is crazy.
So why was your day stressful?
Oh, nothing as crazy as yours. You know, the printer ran out of ink.
Oh, Boydie, I'm so sorry.
Oh, hey, you had a worse day. Oh, hold on, I think I'm getting a phone call. No, it's my mom. Hello?
Hey, fuckhead.
Hi, Mom.
Have you heard from Jonathan? He's not answering my phone calls, and he always answers Mommy's phone calls.
No, I haven't heard from him. Did you know he joined the Air Force?
No, I didn't know that. You make sure you look after him now because you're his older brother, and if anyone tries to fuck with him, you lay their ass out.
Yeah, I will do that.
And you know he still pisses the bed, right? I just got done washing his piss sheets, and I can only hit those sheets with the Tide pin so many times. Those sheets are all stained to fuck.
Okay, I will let him know.
Alright, fuck you.
Love you too, Mom.
Who was on the phone, Boydie?
Oh, it was my mom.
Oh, what did she want?
Oh, just to cuss me out, I guess.
Boydie, look, the
Breaking news, MK! The United States military has an announcement, so let's go to that now.
My fellow Americans, at approximately 2:35 p.m. today, Sergeant Rodriguez got me a goddamn Diet Coke instead of a frozen lemonade from Chick-fil-A. He has since been dishonorably discharged. Also at 2:35 p.m. today, brave soldier Brooklyn T. Guy hopped in his F-22 fighter jet and crashed right into an Iranian nuclear warhead headed toward New York City, sacrificing his own life and saving millions of Americans. He will be known from now on as a badass American war hero, and from now on today will be known as Brooklyn Guy Day.
Boydie, the TV said you died, but Boydie, you're here. So, are you a ghost, Boydie?
Not a ghost.
Are you like Casper?
No, I'm not like Casper.
Oh, so you're not friendly, Boydie?
No, I am not friendly.
Are you like the other ones, the mean ones?
I'm not a ghost.
Oh, well then, Boydie, why did the TV tell me you died?
Okay, listen, Karen. At work, I got orders to fly my jet into a nuclear missile and die, so I told my brother to go do it for me.
Boydie, that's so cowardly.
No, it's not, because I'm alive. I'm here. Isn't this better?
But you're not a hero, Boydie.
Oh, yes, I am. See, on the news, I have my own day now. So maybe you should hop in that shower. You know what I'm saying? Because I could go out and people would just be throwing themselves at me.
No, Boydie, they wouldn't. You know why? Because they all think you're dead, and that's gross, and I think it's illegal.
You're right.
Mhm.
I can't really get the benefits of this. I didn't really think that through.
Mhm.
Oh, shit, Karen. I know that knock. That's the military's knock.
Oh, no, Boydie, what are we gonna do?
Okay, pretend I'm dead. Be sad. Yeah, you don't have to do it here. Okay, just save that. Use that energy at the front door, okay? I'm gonna hide.
Excuse me, ma'am. Oh, I guess you already saw the news then. Well, we ran out of American flags. It's embarrassing, I know. But the U.S. Air Force would like to offer you this 10-count box of Coca-Cola mini cans in honor of your husband's brave sacrifice. He's a true American hero will be remembered forever. Wait, what is that? Guy? Guy, is that you? Guy? Guy, I saw you under that blanket. Guy, come on out.
Ooh, I'm a ghost! Ooh, spooky!
Guy, I thought you died from that missile.
Listen, sir, it's a really long story, but I can't tell you because I actually just became a monk and I'm taking a vow of silence starting now.
Boydie, if you don't tell him, I will.
Don't!
Boydie, what happened to your vow of silence?
I'm starting right now.
Okay, so what had happened was Boydie was too chicken to fly into the nuke, so he tricked his brother into doing it for him.
What, you got your brother to do it?
Yeah.
Well, that means you're not a hero and you shouldn't have a day named after you. We should name the day after him, whatever his name is.
The name is Johnson with one J.
How the fuck else would we spell it, and why aren't you dead, and where are your clothes?
Oh, then my clothes burned off.
You did not survive that.
Yeah, I did. I prematurely ejaculated from the jet before it hit the nuke.
Wait, so you ejected from the jet?
Yeah, I had it on autopilot.
Well, that's not a sacrifice. That means nobody here's a hero. I'm going home.
Oh, wait, can we still keep our cokes?
Give me those cokes.
I still blew up the nuke.
Boydie, how does it feel to not be a hero?
All right, Karen, I promise if I ever find myself in that situation again, I will sacrifice myself for you.
Really, Boydie?
Yeah. Well, boys, I got some bad news. Iran launched another missile and it's dinner time, so I need some volunteers.
Well, you already know.